Today we played Fortnite Prop Hunt, a game where there's a bunch of hiders that can turn into literal items on the map, and then there's one seeker whose job is to try and find every single one of them. My hiding spots got a little bit absurd, so let's see if they can find me. Alright guys, we're playing Prop Hunt in a doomsday bunker, and it looks like the first seeker is
Mia.
Oh, God. Uh-oh.
Alright guys, we all gotta hide. We only have 37 seconds before she's released.
Wait, look at this.
Where?
There's like a little guy over here that says missing items, gold.
Wait, we have to bring him gold?
I wonder if we could turn into that.
Oh, true that. Okay, well, we only have 25 seconds, so I'm gonna look for something around here. I'm not really seeing anything good.
Me neither.
Oh, nah. What am I gonna turn into, bruh?
Yo, chat, I am cooked.
Wait. I'm gonna turn into this little thing right here. Okay, and maybe I could find a spot to camp in. Oh, gosh, I got no time. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna stay right here. And we got prop pings. Okay, I think my spot's pretty okay. I don't think Mia will suspect it.
Okay, here I come, I think. Oh, gosh.
Were you released?
I'm released!
Uh-oh, she's on the lookout. Whoever's making noise out there, you better stop it.
I see footsteps this way.
Wait, what does silly sound mean? Oh, I made a silly sound. Hopefully she didn't hear that.
How'd you do that?
It's with Q, or it was on the left side of my screen. I don't know. Mia, you finding anyone yet?
I don't think so. This is a bit difficult.
You don't have that much time. You should just start shooting at random stuff. If you have infinite ammo, you could just shoot at everything.
Unfortunately, it is not infinite.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
I mean, it's not limited either, but
Interesting.
I don't want to waste it.
True beans. Mia, I'll give you one hint. I just saw you. That's the only hint I'm giving you. Uh-oh. Oh, yo, did she find Shady?
No.
Uh-oh.
I just ran faster, though. That was kind of funny.
What?
That could have been dangerous.
Nah, Mia, he ran past you.
I hear pings, but I don't know where.
You just gotta listen closely for them.
Oh.
You got surround sound audio?
Yeah, okay, let's see.
Surround sound.
Uh-oh. She might have heard that one.
I don't know where this is. In here?
Hey, yo. No, definitely not in there. Nowhere in there. I don't know what you're shooting at, but you're not gonna find anything. Oh my goodness. There's no way I dodged all that. Whoa. What you shooting at over there? I gotta go.
I see someone running!
No, you didn't.
Oh, where did you go?
Oh my goodness. Ain't no way I just found a new spot.
Someone's in here.
That was the quickest time I've ever found a new spot in. Only at 68 health. Mia, you almost killed me, but I ran away in time.
No! I got someone! Mia!
Oh, nah.
Oh.
Well, Zoe's now a seeker.
Wait.
We gotta worry about 2 people now. Bruh. Really, bougie? Hey, nobody's near me right now, so that's your only hint.
Okay.
I may give more.
Someone's this way.
I feel like you might be near Shady. I heard him say something. Okay, I'm gonna try and find a new spot real quick. While she's far from me, let me go. Uh-oh. What is with that laughing? Oh, nah.
That was funny, bro. I just juked her out.
Wait, what if I do something like this? Okay. Don't be suspicious. Do not.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
All right. Boom. There we go. Wait, this is not
No, this is difficult.
angled correctly. I don't know if this is the right way to be, but maybe she won't notice. Oh, gosh.
Everyone's above me.
There's nobody above you. I don't know what you're talking about. Yo, who am I seeing run by me? Hey, who is that?
Where are you?
I'm in the arcade room. I shouldn't have said that, but
Arcade.
Nah.
okay, yeah, I'm moving.
Oh, I see you, bro.
Hey.
Oh!
Whoa.
Wait, where's the arcade?
I don't know. I'm not there anymore, though, so good luck.
Wait. Come here.
Where are you at?
Follow me.
All right, let's go.
See me jumping?
Yeah. Run.
Look at this.
Where?
Don't say anything, but you can you know what right here.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Hopefully she didn't see me. All right. You gotta hold it down for a while.
Yeah, so be sure to do it when she comes.
Oh. Okay, makes sense.
No pings over here.
I'm pretty sure it takes you to random spots.
Huh.
Yeah.
I'm nowhere near you anymore, Shady. Wait, actually I know where to go. She's not gonna see me here, right? Okay, we're good. I think she's upstairs.
Oh!
What happened?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Mia did not see me on the floor.
What?
You didn't see me, did you?
No, I don't know where anyone is.
Oh my goodness. I ran past a few chairs and she didn't see me right there.
I hear movement.
I'm not seeing any movement.
Huh.
What the Sigma? Okay, I should probably get ready. If she enters this room, I am leaving. Hey, Mia, you have like half the time. Uh-oh, she killed someone.
I got someone. What answer?
You killed the miner.
Okay,
Uh-oh. Oh, this is so not good. Shady, we gotta make sure to just don't get caught for 4 minutes.
4 more minutes?
Yeah, we're good.
Dude.
Already half the time is gone.
That is so long. She's cracking down on us.
Uh-oh. I can outrun her. I will do it.
Oh!
Martin.
Oh, it's the miner.
Wait, what? I thought he died.
He's a spectator ghost.
Yeah, I guess he's with me now.
Where?
Okay.
He's a spectator ghostly man.
He's a specky ghost.
I'm gonna look for Mia. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna look for her because she's right there. Uh-oh. Mia, what you shooting at? Because you definitely ain't shooting at me. Hey. Are you trying to shoot at me down here?
What the matter?
Was that you?
I used the vent. Run.
Hmm.
Uh-oh. I'm making sound.
Where is everyone?
Nowhere.
Okay.
Don't worry about where we are.
I heard a bullet.
No, you didn't hear nothing.
Someone's this way.
Come on. Open up. Let's go. Okay, perfect. Now let's go hide. Oh, wait. What happened? I think the miner's a seeker. He's a seeker. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. I thought you just went to spectator. Ward in the Martin.
Oh.
I don't think he saw where I went. So apparently you do become a seeker when you die. Zoe's just buns. Hey, just so you guys know, you only have 2 minutes.
Yeah, they better hurry.
I can't find anyone.
Well, look harder. Then you'll probably find us. Oh.
No! I was so close to entering the vent.
I got it.
Why did she come in there right as I left?
Oh, no. That means I'm the last one left.
Find Cash, please.
Please don't find me. You don't need to find me anywhere. Wart in the Martin.
Listen for him.
Don't listen for me. Just look for me with your eyes. You'll be able to find me.
Stop shooting.
Yeah, no, just keep shooting. It'll hide my prop ping. Oh my goodness.
It's in this room right here.
This is stressful. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna survive this.
Wait, chill.
Wart.
Under the bed?
What?
How do you get there?
You will never find me.
Bing bum.
No matter how long you search. What in the bougie?
Well, that didn't help.
Wart the Martin. Hello, Martin Bougie. Beautiful Martin.
Is it in here?
I'm nowhere. I don't know where y'all are searching at, but I'm nowhere near you.
Must be mine.
Oh no, Shady.
Nah, bro, it's a little bottle on this in the bottom.
I got stink bombed by Zoe
Oh.
through the wall.
That was so difficult.
Oh man. All right, it's time for round 2, and the seeker is
Me.
it's Shady.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Oh, this is gonna go so fast. He's gonna find all of us way too quick.
I'm scared.
You will die.
No, we will not.
Yes.
We will not die because we're gonna have good spots this time, right?
Yes.
Right, guys?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, I'm trying to look for a good spot around here. I'm not really seeing much, to be honest. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use my gun. Miner, stop following me. Okay, let's just go around here. You know what? This is good enough. Sure, why not? All right, Shady, let's see if you can find me.
Where are you?
I'm something very hidden.
Oh, really?
In plain sight. Yes, you will never find me. Even with the prop pings, it doesn't matter.
Oh, really?
Yeah, us props are way too good at hiding.
Is that so?
Yeah, I'm pretty hidden.
Oh, he's listening for the pings. Uh-oh.
Where are you?
Nowhere. Don't worry about it. I don't even know where you are, to be honest. I might change my spot if you're not near me. Okay, you know what? I'm going for it. I gotta go change my spot. I'm going to something else. Ew, what is that thing? Hey, yo.
I see you, Zoe. Dead.
Oh! Zoe, run! Ooh.
Zoe has died at the hands of the baka.
Nah, Martin.
Bro, you found me so quick.
Wart in the bougie.
Fine.
He heard one of us.
No prop pings. I actually didn't hear anybody.
Oh, okay. Interesting. I think I'm just going to stay where I'm at. I don't know if I need to move yet.
Yeah, me too.
Although I can move somewhere better than this. Nah, he's definitely killing someone.
Oh gosh.
Who's getting shot at?
I don't know.
Is it one of y'all? Or is it me?
Who wants to die?
Did Zoe already die?
I
Nah.
don't know. Gonna find you.
Who is that?
Why is he so good at finding the pings?
I don't know. But now there's 3 hunters. Shady, Mia, and Zoe.
Is anyone over here?
Uh-oh.
I'm not a hunter. The miner is.
Okay. Well then, Mia, we must hide until the end of time.
I don't think I can go very far.
Well, he's gonna listen for our pings. So we gotta go.
Is anyone in here?
Nah, I hear these boys close.
No, you don't hear nothing. You don't hear anything. Uh-oh. Martin the bougie? Okay.
Eat a cinnamon roll.
I might have walked past you guys.
Did someone walk past us?
I may have ran because somebody was very close to me.
What?
I had to.
I thought I saw footsteps.
Well, it could have been the footsteps of your teammates. Who knows? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, what in the Martin?
Nah, there's somebody in here.
This is so bad.
Uh-oh. I may very well be dead.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
No, you didn't.
Oh, I saw someone.
No, you didn't.
Ah! Yo, jump him, jump him.
I got him.
Bruh.
Okay, let's find Mia. Let's find Mia.
I tried to get out of there.
Mia, show yourself now.
Oh gosh.
Mia?
No.
Where are you at?
I'm not showing myself.
All right, we'll just listen for the pings.
Okay, have fun.
All right.
Are you down here? You hear the ping yet?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm not a prop. Oh.
Okay, so she's hiding as a human.
Really? Well, only because I accidentally unmade myself a prop.
All right, guys, just look for a human around here.
What if she's lying? No, there would be a pig, Zoe.
Yeah, you'd hear a prop ping if she was actually a prop.
Oh.
I know she's around here somewhere.
Where am I?
I don't know.
Da, da,
Why are you making that sound? You are not chasing her.
She's hiding as a human?
I think so.
da, da. Only because if I move, you'll see my footsteps and I won't be able to be a prop.
Okay.
Show yourself!
Guys, it should not be this hard to find a human. Why am I so bad at this?
I know, right?
I don't know.
Hello?
You know you can move around, Mia, because everybody else is moving around and it shows their footsteps.
Hello?
No, you're too good at this game for me to move around, bro.
Okay, we'll search every room. We will scrounge her.
She's gonna stay in the same spot. I am searching everything. I'm not seeing her. Wait a second.
I'm looking.
Wait a second.
Huh?
Mia?
Oh, what are you shooting at? Who's shooting?
Yo, can I get a Marco Polo?
I'm not shooting at anything.
Marco.
Hello.
Alright, that did not help.
How is that gonna help? There is no directional audio.
Okay, fine. I'll be a prop.
Wait, she's gonna be a prop? I didn't hear her.
Propping.
I didn't hear it, which means she's on the other side.
Where is this girl at?
I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna hide her in the middle.
I'm so dead.
Wait. Oh, this way. Go, 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 go. Ah!
I literally found her exact spot immediately.
I was in this room.
Right as I heard the prop ping, I just...
I know. That's why it's better to be a human. Bro hunted.
Bro's the Terminator. All right, next round. Who's gonna be Hunter this time?
Who will it be?
Oh,
It's Zoe.
Oh
it's Zoe.
Ain't no way, boy.
Nah, Zoe.
Wait, hold up.
Zoe.
Check this out, Cash.
no. Uh-oh.
Okay. I like it. I like it. Although, I think I have a different strategy. One that'll get me away every single time.
Okay, I'm hidden.
I'm gonna turn into this. Okay, now I just gotta find a vent. All right, this will work for now. Perfect. And now I could just camp right here and no one will ever see me. Good luck.
Naze.
Oh gosh.
Oh, yes, sir.
Naze is looking.
Where are you?
My strategy is too OP.
My strategy is OP. Yo, Cash, if you turn into a hider, you can't get me. Promise?
Okay, I promise.
Um.
Although, if I die, you should probably just change into something else.
Nah, this is the best spot in the game, bro.
I got a pretty good strategy going here. I don't think I'll die either.
Okay, Sigma.
Okay, toilet. Okay, Martin toilet.
This a person?
Nope, there is nobody around you right now.
Real. Zoe is on the hunt.
Nah, she on the hunt.
I hear footsteps.
Oh, you heard footsteps. Really? That means I may have moved.
She on the hunt, bruh.
Where are the footsteps? Who moved?
I was moving.
She on the hunt, bruh.
Who's moving?
Oh, nah.
Is someone moving over here?
I'll tell you my strategy after this round, but it's pretty OP.
Is someone in here?
Nobody's in there, Zoe.
What is that? What is that? Why is it going? Where is it going?
She is tweaking.
Bro, there's a cockroach.
There's nobody there, Zoe.
That's not a prop. That's not a prop. It's just a cockroach.
Uh-oh.
Man, what the heck?
That was someone.
She killed the miner.
Yay! Oh, I'm figuring out the game.
Now it looks like he's a seeker.
Da, da. That's not good.
Yeah, this is gonna be a little hard now.
That's not good at all.
Martin,
Da, da.
you guys will never catch me. I promise.
Is someone here?
I'm nowhere near you.
I heard something.
Ooh.
Wait.
Zoe, you know you... Bro,
That was smart.
that was not... It wasn't really that smart, but it was kind of funny.
She found you?
I was just hiding on top of the thing.
No way.
Uh-oh, Martin.
It was like a pot.
What?
We are all so dead.
No? Not me. I'm not dead.
Okay, how about I'll stay up here for like 2 minutes and then I'll come look.
Okay.
I'll make it fair. I won't come down now.
Oh, there's someone here. Where? Well, that makes sense.
Do you know where I am, Shady?
No, I actually don't. I don't know where you or Mia are.
Cockroach? I'm dead.
It looks like I'm the last one left.
Wait, there's someone here, but who?
Uh-oh, Martin Toilet.
Is this something?
You will never catch me.
There's a prop. Where is Zoe? Where's Zoe?
Nuh-uh.
But I'm confused. Were you here actually?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you somewhere here?
I am not near you.
Maybe you're here. Are you lying?
Yeah, I might be lying.
Oh wait, someone's moving.
Who's moving?
Who's moving?
It could just be your teammates, Zoe.
But they're moving over here.
How do you know?
No one's here.
How do you know?
How do you know?
She doesn't know. What, the toilet?
Where are you?
Oh, my toilet. Oh, my skibbity toilet.
Someone upstairs moving around?
I'm trying to tell you guys I'm nowhere near you.
He's down here.
Nuh-uh.
He's down. I think he's in this room.
Oh, she caught me at the vent.
Nah.
No, 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 no.
He's so tiny I can't aim.
No, 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 no.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's right there.
Well, I died.
Yay!
Well, my strategy was to just use the vent every time you were near me, but it didn't work.
I tried that strat, but Mia got me.
You can use the vent? Yay!
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
I still can't get over Shady's spot.
I was a plant on top of the barrel.
Okay, I have a different strategy, unless I get Hunter.
Who will be the hunter?
Let's see.
Please be B.
It's
It's Zoe again.
Zoe.
Zoe.
Woo!
Oh, man!
I heard Zoe loves being the hunter.
Vroom.
All right. Let's see. Oh, that's a poster.
Where to hide?
Wart in the Martin. All right, here we go. Here we go. Got my prop, and I'm just gonna do something like this. Ah, perfect. All right, I got my spot.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Wait, Zoe, are you already released?
She releases in 5 seconds.
Nope. I got a couple seconds, but I'm ready.
Uh-oh.
And
She's ready like SpongeBob.
here I go.
Nuh-uh.
Da, da.
You don't got nothing on us, Zoe?
Zoe, they're all downstairs.
I this time have my sound on.
What? You didn't have sound on last time?
Nope.
What? That's gotta be a lie.
I'm gonna die!
Mia, don't tell me you're already dead.
How do I get out of this? Go!
Uh-oh.
Come back! Run, 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 run. Come back!
I just hear a bunch of stuff going on, but I don't see it.
Go, 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 go! Where'd she go? Oh, there she is! Go!
Nah.
Stop resisting! I died.
Okay, well now Mia's a seeker, so we gotta watch out for 2 people this time.
Not that bad at this.
I don't know, Zoe. I wouldn't get too confident.
Wait, did I just see something move?
Who did you see move?
Ah.
No.
Someone in the vent?
Nobody's in the vent.
Are you in here?
What the heck is going on?
Ow! Ow, who's hitting me? Wait, what?
Not me.
Well,
Okay.
Oh!
are you in here?
Oh!
Is who and where?
I'm running.
Run, Shady.
I'm so confused. Wait, someone's walking.
Who's walking?
How?
No.
How did you have that suspect?
I saw your arm.
Shady's dead.
You have me angry now.
Someone else is near you, though. Like where you were.
Word.
I just saw the X.
Word.
I saw the X. It's probably the miner.
What X?
No, Shady, somebody was in here.
I don't know what y'all are talking about.
He's back here behind the machine. How do I get back upstairs? I'm out of ammo. Watch out! Guys, he escaped. And like nobody helped me.
Nuh-uh.
Hang on, guys. I'm coming.
Nuh-uh.
Wait, I don't know how to get back upstairs. I saw another X.
How do you keep seeing X's?
What is going on with you, Mia?
Someone's getting shot in here, bro.
You're tweaking.
Mia tweaking.
No, I see a banana running.
No, you see the banana.
Get it!
Hey. You don't see nothing.
Where did the banana go?
Oh! Pickaxe him.
I'm stuck. No, don't pickaxe me. Get away. Get away.
Man,
Goodbye.
I would love to know how to get back upstairs.
Oh, this is so not good. Oh, this is so not good.
Where did it go?
He's running around.
Banana. Ah!
Banana!
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Banana!
I'm on the kitchen counter. Ah! Bruh. Who is still alive?
Wait, how did Shady die?
I went out with a bang.
Explosion.
Well, I think it's just the miner now. Everyone take a listen.
Let's find him.
We must find him. Miner?
Wait, how'd you guys get upstairs?
Where are you at? I didn't hear a ping.
Me neither.
Wait, what?
I didn't hear one either.
All right, I'm going downstairs. I'm going this way.
Oh, maybe he's hiding as a person.
No, he's not.
Oh, wait, no. It's the prop ping is still activated.
Yeah, we'd be able to tell. He might be around here. Nope, didn't hear anything there. What?
Does bro have a goated spot?
Where the Martin? He might have the most goated spot known to man. Let's go over here and listen.
Da, da.
Nope, not there.
Nothing here.
Y'all still haven't heard a ping yet?
Nope. No, I'm upstairs.
Word. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna go back around this way.
Same.
What the toilet?
What about here? Oh, I heard something.
I got a ping on me.
He went in the vent?
In the vent. He's in the vent.
Check the vents.
I'm pretty sure.
He probably made it to another one.
Check the vents.
Check all of them.
How do you check him? He left the vent in a room up here.
He's gone now.
He's camping by the vent.
We must find him. Miner?
He's like Among Us.
I didn't hear the ping.
Get out of the vent.
That means he went to another
I
vent.
think I heard the ping.
You did?
I think so.
And chase him down.
I'm looking.
Is he around here, Miner? Wait, I heard something.
He's over here somewhere.
Ah, I found him! I found him!
Did he go in the vent?
Hey, let him get up! Let him get up!
Ah! Go!
I killed him.
Yay! Yay!
Sorry, Miner.
Let go.
All right, last round, and it looks like Mia is the seeker.
Mia's the seeker.
Uh-oh.
I haven't even gotten it once.
Womp womp.
Brother, what?
Nah.
Okay, well, I think I have a weird strategy here. It might not make sense to y'all, but you'll see in just a second.
What you mean?
Don't worry about it. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna cancel this actually. How do I want to do this?
All right, here I come.
Mia, we can talk about this. We can talk about this.
Talk about what? You know my eyesight's terrible.
Can I just roam freely for a little bit?
What?
Sure, I still haven't seen you, so,
Can I just roam freely? Can me and the miner roam freely for just a little bit?
Sure, I'll listen for the prop stuff.
Okay, Mia. Okay, Bougie Martin.
No pings over here.
Right.
Go over here now.
Mia, I don't know if you'll actually find my spot.
Let's listen.
Don't listen for anything.
I want a banana.
What am I becoming right now? Oh, no. This is not good. This is not good.
Is blood a nanner?
Me? No.
Blood's a nanner.
No, I not.
Ooh.
No, not the one I play 10, 21.
21? I think my spot's actually kind of good. I ain't gonna hold you.
Bro said he isn't gonna hold us. Okay, Bougie.
I did a bad decision. Uh-oh.
What do you do, Zoe? Huh? What do you do?
I unmorphed on accident.
Please.
Mia, can you do me a favor? Can you go downstairs for like 5 seconds?
Where is everyone?
I just want to find a good hiding spot, but you can't be up here.
Okay.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me cook.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let him catch his breath.
Breath.
No, please.
No, please, please.
Please. Wait.
All right.
Wait, Mia.
Who is this car? Is that the miner, bro?
Mia, I got my good spot.
Okay, I'm gonna go look for you now.
Okay.
Okay, does anybody else see one more coin? I need one more.
Nah, bro's looking for coins.
I'm trying to do something funny.
Oh, nah.
Please, I just need one more.
I think I might have the best spot, even if all of you are hunters, unless somebody saw me.
Ooh.
Word.
Okay.
Okay, Booge.
One bite challenge, bro. Anything goes, bro.
1 bite challenge.
Oh boy.
Okay, what in the Bougeful Sigma?
Hello, Mia. Just don't mind me. Just doing my time.
Someone is here.
Nah, who is it?
No.
You better find them.
But where?
You better find them, Mia. Oh, she's stink bombing now.
What the heck?
Oh, she's stink bombing.
Um,
Did you see my spot, Shady?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay, good.
But I released a mech that throws impulse grenades at her.
Yo, what?
I think Mia's looking for me. Uh-oh, Bougie. Mia, you're not gonna find me.
Where are you?
I would just look for the others. You made a mistake sparing Shady.
Someone's in here?
I don't know, Bouge. Yo, this spot is so good. I don't have very good visibility, but it's all right.
Mia! Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I was starting to think I was total buds.
Let's see if Zoe's good enough to find this spot.
Hey, I've been doing pretty good so far.
Okay.
Wait, I saw a red X.
Nuh-uh.
I saw a red X.
No, you did not.
You're on the weight bar, aren't ya?
Word?
You're on the weight bar.
What is she talking about?
He is this! Where you got? Who is that?
I don't know.
Got him!
That's not me.
That was the miner. Okay.
You probably killed the miner.
Okay.
Okay, Dan Bouge.
No ping. Not over here.
Nah, she's listening. Yo, Shady, are you a prop or no? Why'd my whole screen just turn blue?
I saw a red X.
Word?
I saw a red X.
No, you didn't. It's called a hit marker, by the way, Mia.
Yeah, I'm hitting someone.
That means you're probably close. But your buns.
Am I hitting anyone?
No.
I don't know, but I hear the destruction.
Ward in the mountain.
Are you doing this spot again? I found Shady. He's in here. I don't know where. He probably ran. He ran. I don't know where he is.
Yeah, he ran away. My spot is so good. I kind of feel bad.
Where are you?
Y'all probably will not find me.
I got an X here. I'm so confused. Where's the ping?
Just because you get next doesn't mean that I'm near there.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, not here, but up close. What's this guy doing? Oh. Smack everything! Ah!
Hey, wait a second. What is going on? Aw, the miner just saw me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
What is it?
Oh, that's so not good.
It's a camera!
No! How did the stink bomb even reach me? Zoe just threw it.
Let's go! That's crazy.
Nah, that is cheap. You did not know where I was.
What's the banana doing? Get the banana.
There's a banana?
Oh.
Zoe, you are shooting at nothing. He's not even a prop right now.
Oh, really?
No, there's no propping.
Well, you know, there could have been a chance he was a banana.
Is my mech doing anything?
Just look for him.
Your mech is in the corner dying.
Wait, I can see my mech's health across the map. What are y'all doing to it?
Where?
It's getting murked.
Across the map, you say?
He said across the map. Maybe he's tricking us. Maybe he's right next to it.
What if he's inside the mech?
Maybe.
Where is he?
Maybe beans?
Nah, I vented like the sussy imposter.
You can vent?
I vented.
No way.
I'm just gonna keep venting around the map. Good luck keeping up.
All right.
Buns.
Keep venting.
Red is sus.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Are you in this vent?
Red is sus.
Oh, Zoe, you scared me.
Sorry. I don't even see him anywhere. Yo, get out of the vents.
Nah, you gotta come in the vent.
We can't. How do you go in the vent?
It just teleports you to another vent, Zoe.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't work for me.
Wait, there's a fishing here? Where? Oh, this would have been such a goated spot. I should have thought of this.
Yeah, you can fish in there.
Friday.
I might be in there.
No way.
Where are you?
I might have jumped in the water
You can't even jump in.
and taken a swim.
He's lying.
Well, you can if you're good.
That's cap.
That's cap, man. Yo, Cash, guess what?
Word.
I've came to wrap it up, do my thing.
Okay, what?
I don't see him, man.
I don't see him either.
You guys just want to give me the win?
No.
Come on, guys.
Dude, and there's a minute left. Like, we've been looking, bro. I'm telling you, he's probably one of the mechs. Where are you?
You murdered my net. You murdered my mech in cold blood.
Word.
Where were you? Where was he?
I was hiding in that medical room that my mech was actually next to, but nobody came in to check behind the curtain.
Buns.
Nah.
No, I came in and looked behind the curtain. I didn't see you.
That's crazy.
What?
That is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
This little girl was really sad when her parents got divorced, so she used 2 dolls to make a wish that they could come alive and fix their relationship together. Unfortunately, Mia and I became these dolls, and essentially we were a husband and wife that had to fix our relationship. Also, in this game, you can see both of our perspectives. I'm gonna be on the right side and Mia's gonna be on the left, and we're gonna have to work together to make it out of each room. So that's the name of the game. It takes 2 people. All right, Mia, select your character. I'm going with this guy.
All right, I'll go with May.
You have to. She's the girl. Enter.
Yes!
Oh, look at us, Mia. We are finally in the game.
Oh, we're so locked.
Okay, so basically, this girl's parents are getting a divorce, and she wished upon a book for them to become the dolls and fix their relationship. So now we're playing as the mom and dad to fix our marriage.
Oh.
And I can see your screen and my screen. This is kind of weird.
Yeah, why?
Oh, look at this. E.
Wait, what does this do?
Oh, you climb it. Yo, get up here, Mia.
Oh, my bad. E.
What are you doing on that side? Oh, there we go. Boom. Oh, we're learning.
Hey!
All right, Mia, you see these things on the ground?
Yeah, what do we do?
Pick them up and come put them over here in this machine.
Okay.
Oh, I accidentally threw it. Hold on. Let me just toss it in there. Boom.
There we go.
We need one more. Where is it at? It's up there.
So far.
I'll do it. Don't worry. I got the parkour. Yeah.
Oh, it's running.
Oh, why is this one moving? Hey, you little skibbity spider. Let's get it out.
How do we get him out?
Come on, just, wait, dash into it. Yeah. Oh. Now look at you. Ah.
Wait, what? It doesn't even work.
Maybe we need to break the glass. Is there something around us?
Can I break it myself? Okay, no, I can't. We gotta look for something.
Oh, wait. You can jump and ground pound. Boom. Oh, I broke it.
Oh!
Give me that spider. Yo, give me that spider.
Where'd it go?
Okay, we just gotta jump back and forth on this. Look. Yeah. Chase that thing down. I'm cooking right now. Hello, Martin.
Okay, I'm up.
Oh, he's still running. Double jump. I'm learning. Where did he just go?
Oh, I missed. Ah!
Mia, what? You died?
I missed.
You're double jumping way too early. Just jump off the edge and then jump again.
Oh, come on.
Why are you dashing?
Yo, wait.
You do not need to dash. Oh my god.
Okay, I got it.
There you go. Pull it down. Hello, Martin. You get over here, you little spider. Oh, okay. We gotta crouch.
L control to crouch.
Hey, get back here. Get back here, buddy. Oh, wait a second. What am I just walking through?
Where is he?
Toggle sprint with caps. Nah. Look at me. I'm running weird.
Wait, why do you run? I run like sideways.
Oh, yeah, you do. All right, wait. Let's go in this outlet and stick a nail in it. Good idea? I died.
Oh my gosh.
Do not put a nail inside there.
This said to do something. Ground pound.
Yeah, jump and ground pound it. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Boom.
We did it!
Okay, now we gotta jump and slide on the surface.
Jump and slide.
Uh-huh. Do not jump on the gear, okay?
Okay, I'm on it still.
All right, I'm going. Hello. Now we gotta go around this way. Oh, hello, little spider. Oh, he's still running.
Oh my gosh, he is CD.
He jumped from over here like this.
We are not him!
Okay, well, wait, jump and slide on surface? We both just died.
On the yellow one.
Oh, I see. Okay, so I gotta wait for that yellow to come, and then, yeah, let me across. Thank you. Watch out for that chainsaw, though. Yeah, boom. Oh, I did it. Wait, we're goated. Look at this. Yeah. Wait, you can save it.
Grab me.
You can save it.
Grab me. Ow.
Oh, you buns.
Okay, let's get up.
Hello, little spider. Yo, give me that little spider. I've had enough.
How is he still going?
He's just baiting us. I think he likes to mess with us. Yo, how did you even get up there?
That's slippery.
Can we pull this?
Oh.
Oh, wait, we gotta plug this in. Look.
Oh, we gotta ground pound it.
I did it.
Oh, yay!
I'm powering up the chainsaw. Yo.
I'm on.
Get me up there. Wait, we gotta push it like this. Press E.
Press E. Okay.
Go! Woo!
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. Oh, jump. Oh, Martin. Jump.
Okay.
Finally, we got him.
How do we even get back to the entrance?
We're gonna have to find our way back. All right, in you go, Mr. Sir. Boom. We powered the machine.
Oh, this is perfect.
Now pull it down with me. Let's go. Yes.
Come on!
We unlocked the staircase. Let's go.
Oh, this is great.
Oh no, that book of love is okay. Really? Thank you, sir. I guess.
Ow!
He just launched us.
I just want to get to my daughter.
Well, first we have to fix ourselves and become human again.
True.
Oh, there's our daughter.
There she is.
I kind of feel bad for her.
It's our vacuum cleaner.
What? Hello, vacuum cleaner.
Hello. He's gonna sneeze.
Ew.
Ew!
Yo, that's nasty. Oh, poor guy. Are you okay, buddy?
I think he's mad at us.
Oh.
Oh my
Yo, what? Why we just get... Okay, really, vacuum? And to think, I bought you for $5.99.
This is terrible.
Well, now we're getting lost inside a vacuum cleaner, Mia.
Wait, I think we're out.
How are we supposed to fix this marriage when we're inside a vacuum?
I don't know.
Book of Love.
Looks like we have to climb the vacuum cleaner.
All right, well, let's go. We already know how to do this. Yeah.
Go!
Let me through. Oh, wait, caps lock. I'm sprinting.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Parkour time. Nah, did you already fall in the water?
Oh my gosh. Ah! Wait, I didn't know we had to touch it.
Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to go in this thing,
Oh my gosh.
but I'll test it out for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going through. Okay, I'm about to get shot out of a cannon. Yo, this is sick.
I'm coming through.
Hold on, wait. Where do I land? Where do I land? In this one. Yes. Wait, no, wrong way. Wrong way. Do not land in that, Mia. Oh.
Oh.
It doesn't matter because we respawn right here. So we can jump up this way? No, do not jump that way.
Wait, so which way?
Let me think. Oh.
Oh, probably this way.
Yeah, definitely. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, bruh, what? I guess we don't jump on that.
Wait, what?
If we don't go there, then we must go...
Oh.
Which way? Maybe I can grab one of these bugs. Yeah.
Can I go up the wires?
Oh.
Ah.
Wait a second.
Don't try the wires.
E. Oh, I can position this. I want you
Oh my gosh.
to go upwards. All right, Mia, go through. Mia, go through it now. Yes.
Okay.
There you go. You're welcome.
And then can I E here?
Oh, you've got to.
It doesn't. Oh wait, there's a button. I'm gonna jump slam on it.
I want you to press it. Press it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pushing up now. Yes. Thank you.
Come on.
Oh, we did it. Now do we go in this? I guess so. All right, we're going together. Yeah. Race you to the end.
Oh, we are cooking.
Yeah. Goodbye, Martin. Oh, yeah. I am cooking. Oh, yeah. Look at me on this platform. Oh, wait.
I'm on it too.
Oh, yeah, true. Okay, jump. Yeah. I did it.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Do it again. Boom.
Dash. Nice.
And get me... Wait, I don't want to go in that. That looks a little skibbity.
Come on, guys.
Here, I'm going to point it upwards for you. I got you, Mia. Go ahead.
Oh wait, I can control this end. That is so weird. Okay, I'm going.
All right, I'm going to shoot you up that way.
No.
Boom. What does that button do?
Okay, I think it's gonna let you through.
Are you sure?
Come on.
What did it do?
Wait, what did it do?
You just powered it.
It reversed.
It reversed, so do I go in through this side?
Oh, I gotta shoot you up the other way.
Oh, all right. Go ahead, Martin. Yes, and now I go in here.
How do you aim it?
Aim it up. Yes.
Yay!
All right, now I'll press this button for us. Boom.
Okay.
What did that do? Whoa, what did I just activate?
Oh, I don't know. I kind of want to see.
Did I do that? Oh, wait.
I'm out.
You jumped in? All right, I'm jumping in too. You got me in there. Oh, wait, this is sick. Oh, my goodness. We're doing parkour through tubes. Yeah. Yes.
That was sick.
Yo, it kind of sounds like those airport, like, little escalator things, but they don't actually go up.
Oh, I like those.
All right, go ahead. Go in, Mia. I almost
Okay, I'm through.
crushed you. Oh, my goodness. Now you need to get me through there without me dying to this fan.
Oh, okay. So I have to like do something here, right? Like what? Where do I aim?
Maybe you have to push the fan. Oh, you stopped the fan. Oh, my goodness.
I got it.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, thank goodness.
All right, we're cooking.
Cash.
What?
Good playing around.
My fault. I'm pressing the button. Wait, what is this?
We have to do wiring.
Oh, Among Us. Come on, Mia, help me.
Wait, how do I even help?
Press the button.
Oh, we have to run to each thing.
Okay.
Take it through.
I want you to press it. Yeah. Get me out.
Go, Cash.
I'm holding it. Okay.
You are the goat.
We connected everything. Oh, I'm just a little burnt, though.
That hurt me.
It's okay. I'm getting clean by the vacuum.
Aim.
Oh, I love this part. This is so fun.
Here we go.
This is just like 2-player teamwork puzzles. Oh.
I think it is one. Oh, whoa.
Don't miss it. Yeah. We got another one going up this way. Oh, button.
Perfect.
Jump towards either side.
Okay.
I know what I'm doing. I've done this before. Hello. What's over here?
Are you like supposed to be sideways? I don't like it.
Yeah, no, I kind of like it. It's like we're playing a Mario game. Yeah.
Okay, I'm crouching through.
All right, I'm making my way up. Oh, is that the way to go? Wait. Do I gotta jump outwards? Oh, you go in here. Crouch.
How? Oh, crouch.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I'm moving.
What's on the other side of this wall? Is that a rotating fan? Oh, wait, I got this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See you later, Mia.
No, wait for me, please.
I'm going to victory.
No. This isn't good. I'm stuck up alone.
Oh, she binds. You gotta use your dash.
Okay.
It's very helpful.
Okay, I'm on.
I want to spin the wheel. I want to spin it. Oh, you almost failed that.
Come on. Oh, that was bad.
All right, I'm gonna spin the wheel. I spin in it. Did you just jump off? Oh, I see. So I gotta keep it still for you right here. There you go. Wait, what?
Oh, I keep jumping over. That's my problem.
Oh, nah.
I can hang on the side. Maybe I spin.
Are you sure? All right, here. You come spin the wheel. I'll make the jump.
I can't.
Whoa! Okay, wait. You just slip off the side, though. Wait, can I just hang on?
Yes, you have to hang.
What is hang again? Is that... All right, like this.
Oh.
It's cosmetic, I'm telling you.
Yeah, literally. What is this? Okay, I'm hanging.
Okay, nice, nice. Okay, I got you.
Pour me. Ice sliding. Ice sliding.
I'm going. Going. Gosh.
You bloody Martin. How? Mia, you took too long. All right, wait.
Can you reach that jump up there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, it's...
Oh, I gotta slide off. Wait, I gotta get towards the top.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so turn it more. Okay, and now go.
Go. I'm cooking.
My grip is not gonna last very long.
Get ready to jump. Jump.
Yeah, I did it. Okay, we cooked.
Nice. You trying to get me?
Now, yeah, I gotta get you across. Hold on, let me press this button for you. Boom. You're welcome. There you go. Oh, this might be harder for you.
No.
You gotta do it while it's moving. Wait, that's actually easier though. Just hold left click
Okay.
and space. There you go. It's easy.
I'm going.
And then when it flips around, you just jump over to the other side. Oh yeah.
Oh, my gosh. Thank goodness.
We did it. Let's go. Huh, what?
Oh.
What? Don't worry.
You killed me.
Yo, my fault. I didn't realize there... Okay, Mia, what was that?
Dude, I thought I could skip.
You are overcooking it. It jumps you up like that anyways. There you go.
I made it.
Okay, Mia made it there. There's a lever over here. Press it. Oh, wait, that one... Okay, hold on. Let me press it. Whoa!
Ah.
I see. Okay, so you need to get over to the other one, and then I press it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so jump to that first one, and then... Oh, pressy. Okay, jump.
Okay.
Oh, pressy. Yes. You're welcome. Wait, watch this.
You're goaded.
Oh, no, that's a window. Yo, my fault.
Oh, I have to press it for you. Okay.
Okay, all right, ready? I jump in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we did it.
Let's go.
Let's go, Martin. Yeah, let me across.
Okay.
Let me through. What is this?
I think we're doing pretty good here.
Oh, yeah, we're definitely speedrunning right now. I didn't think it would be this good. All right, now what am I looking at?
So it seems like this might be a fire hazard.
Yeah, for real. We're gonna cook in this place if we don't get out. All right, watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa, brother. How?
I wall jump. There you go.
Okay, I'm here.
And now it looks like we might need to insert some things here.
Ooh, okay.
You see this? Maybe or maybe not.
How do we... Oh, we leave. Bye.
We didn't have to do anything?
I don't think so.
Oh, no. All right, I got this. I'm pointing it up for you.
Oh.
Go. Oh, you went the opposite way. Oh, there you go.
Oh!
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
It's time to...
Press it. Whoa. Oh, gosh. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Yes.
Come through!
Thank you. Do we go through that fan now? Or do we go that way?
I assume so. Wait, is there another way to go?
No, definitely through the fan. The other way was backwards. Yeah. Now what happens when I press this? Okay, did I just belly bump it? It's just a flashlight.
Why does it turn off and on?
Maybe it's just teaching us that we can use lights in the future.
Ooh, I like that.
I like it a lot. All right, I gotta catch up. Mia's passing me up right now. I don't like it. Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! Yeah.
I made it.
Okay, what is this tube? Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Yo, we're both going through. We got this. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Aim!
I almost missed. Wow, that was close.
Oh my gosh, it's shooting me like to the side.
Yeah, why is it so sideways? Okay, there we go. And
Okay, we're here.
press it.
Okay.
Go on it, and then we go over. Wait.
I got you. No. Yes! Oh, I tried.
It's okay. I'll go again.
Again.
All right, and yes, and yes. Find May. Oh, I can aim my camera at you with the middle mouse button.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
All right, now I gotta somehow get you over on this side.
Oh.
I think I need to push this a little bit and then give you the platform right there. Can you make that?
Oh. I made it.
Okay, good. Now stay there. Now I'll push you to this side. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta crouch.
Okay, so you have to crouch when it gets to that point. So you jump on, and I'm pushing it now. Yeah. There you go.
Let's go.
We did it.
Okay.
This way. Yeah. Oh. All right, stand there.
Stand here.
And then I... Boom. Oh, what did that do? Oh, she went in the tube. Oh.
Oh, then you have to run over and aim me.
Oh, Martin. Oh, Martin. I was too late. Okay, let me try that again. All right, ready?
Oh. Okay, wait. Here. Okay.
All right.
I'm going in.
Aim it upwards.
Aim it.
That way.
Go!
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we literally cooked there.
That's what I'm saying. Press that button. What did that do? Oh. What happened?
It's reversed.
Oh, wait. Look, I go inside now, and then it takes me all the way around. Skibbity toilet. Oh, yeah, look at me, Mia. Skibbity.
I think I aim you.
Oh, maybe you might have to. I'm gonna press this button, though. That just popped out something. You might have to aim it into its mouth. Oh, you did it.
I'm aiming.
Kobe. Wait, now I got 2 more. Do I have to press it again? Or do I just go in here now? Oh, I don't know if I was supposed to go in here. I don't want to go in the mouth. Oh, wait, hold on. Look at this. I gotta suck the apples in. It's like Hungry Hippos. And you just keep feeding it until it's happy.
Oh my gosh. Why am I the one that's doing the aiming? Oh no.
We're lowering it. Yes, keep feeding. Okay.
I'm trying.
I think I can make it now. I can go. Yes. Yes. Boom.
Oh, we got it. We got it.
Oh, yeah, Martin. Let's go, Mia. We got this.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Push it. I want you to push it.
We're doing it.
Yeah, we're actually kind of goated at this. Oh, it's just going without me. I'm not even touching a thing.
We did it.
What is that?
Oh, no.
Okay, well, that guy's angry. I'm not sure what we did to him.
It's the vacuum.
Are you sad? I'm sorry.
He's mad because we put things inside of him.
Okay, well, it was my little daughter. Always leaving stuff around.
Yes, I'm saying.
Okay, I think we can talk to him about it. And the book is back.
Oh, my gosh.
Are you serial, bro?
He's mad because we replaced him with a new vacuum.
Oh.
Not good.
Well, sorry, vacuum. You just became unk, bruh.
You're unk. Oh, we're fighting. We're fighting.
We're fighting our vacuum cleaner?
We're fighting.
Why am I seeing a boss bar? Hey. Whoa. Whoa. You calm down, little vacuum.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
I ran into that.
Are you supposed to go in there?
Oh, we're supposed to do this. Cash, get on this thingy.
Oh, okay. And then I take the bombs, and then I shoot him at him. Yeah. Wait, Mia, I think you're supposed to aim the top one.
Oh,
Ouch! Okay, hold on.
that hurt me.
Watch the bombs. Watch them.
Am I supposed to aim something?
You will, oh gosh. You will aim that.
Okay, I got the top. I got top.
Yes, and now aim it at his face while I get all of these bombs. Yeah. I can't get these ones next to me. Oh, nice.
We did it. We got some damage.
Okay, you aimed him. Watch out for that. Ah, he's buns. I'm dodging all these attacks.
Oh.
Oh, you got hit?
Dude, he's so okay. There's so many. Like, brother, I'm gonna get hit.
Yo, Mia, you just gotta watch out. Oh, get me out of there.
Oh my gosh, okay, I'm going up.
You can see the shadows before they land. All right, are you ready to aim? All right, go!
I am. Oh my gosh, my aim is so bad.
Okay, I couldn't get all of the bombs.
Nice.
Watch it.
No, you cooked.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Landmines.
Okay, just run to the back. I made it through. Oh my god. Can you cut it out, dude? Whoa.
Yes, help me.
I can't help you. I'm trying to fend for myself right now. Oh my god, more of these things? Really, bruh? All right, it's fine. Oh, we should lead all of the bombs next to the vacuum so it's easier for me to pick up.
Okay.
All right, I'm picking all of them up. There you go. Shoot him at him. Yes.
We killed him.
Oh my goodness. It was that easy?
Grab his arm.
Yeah, what's up? What's up, vacuum? What you gonna do now? We're gonna go into your mouth. Oh, no, your eyeballs.
Die.
Oh, this is kind of messed up. I'm sorry, Mr. Vacuum.
Oh, spam me.
No, I'm spamming it.
Go.
I'm butterfly clicking it right now. I'm pressing it faster than you. Yeah. All right, there we go. We just killed the vacuum.
Yes.
Sorry, dude.
Goodbye.
Whew, thank goodness. And we fell.
That was quite the explosion.
Well, at least we made it out, but there's still a lot more to do.
Yeah, I know.
And if this video hits 10,000 likes, then we're going to continue the rest of this game with face cam.
Very true.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I already graduated school about 4 years ago, but I'm going back now because apparently this game is blowing up. School 666. Basically, this is a game where we're stuck inside of a school and we need to find anomalies to escape. So guys, leave a like to wish me luck. I'm really gonna need it. I'm already creeped out by this place. If you find an anomaly, please turn back. If you see nothing unusual, please go forward. If you forget your starting direction, look for the green light. That is the direction you started from. And then we just click on this to view the previous level. Wait, what? What is going on? Am I not supposed to press that clock? Oops. Okay, so only if I see an anomaly, I go and press the clock. Oh, there's a kitty cat here. Hi, buddy. I hope you're not an anomaly. That would be really bad. So I need to remember the layout of this entire place. This is exactly like Shinkansen Zero, if you guys remember that game. Except that was on a train. Now I'm in a school. This is actually going to be so hard to remember. Okay, I'm just going to remember that there's cabinets, lockers, a plunger. What did I just do? What is that? Waving my arms around. Okay, a fire extinguisher, random stuff, a little blue clip thing. I'm tweaking out for some reason. Closed door. Okay, I highly doubt I'm gonna remember all of this, but let's just go straight forward. Let me out. Hi! What was that? Is there an anomaly or something? Is that what the game's trying to tell me? What's the anomaly? I don't get it. Okay, I guess I'll go back then. Thank goodness I can sprint. Oh, I love you, little kitty cat. Oh, why are you jumping up and down? All right, I guess let's just go backwards. Is this the right decision? I have no idea what it's supposed to look like. I shouldn't have pressed the clock. Oh, what did I just hear? Okay, well, we're back in the same area. Is this guy supposed to be looking upwards? Yeah, I think he was. We got the cabinets. That looks good. Okay, I think this all looks good. Not sure if that was ever toppled over, but I'm just going to say it was. I don't know if this chair is supposed to be leaning backwards either. But as long as I remember it for the future, right, guys? I'm genuinely so cooked. If I get jump scared, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, I'm just gonna press the clock and hope that there was no anomalies in there, right?
Was I supposed to go forward there? Skibidi. Okay, now this one opened. What? So I'm going up the levels. Wait, why is it backwards now? No, this is wrong. It's not supposed to be all flipped, right? Is that an anomaly? I'm gonna assume so. Oh, please. Wait, so I only press the clock to view the previous level. Oh, so I probably shouldn't be pressing the clock over and over, huh? Okay. I guess I'll just memorize the layout now. Okay, that looks good. So if I just go forward, is that a good thing? Can I go through these doors? Oh, I see. Okay. I was being an idiot and pressing the clock for some reason. All right. So let's remember all of this now. We got the blue stuff. Okay. Yep. That looks normal, I think. Okay. All this definitely looks normal to me. Oh, God. I should probably be taking some more time. Wait, isn't this supposed to be like down, over? That cabinet feels wrong. I'm just going to go forward anyways. I don't trust myself right now. Let's keep going forward. Oh, I'm on door 1. I think I got it wrong. Unlocking cash. Okay, now we're on door 2. Maybe I got it right. Who knows? Okay, so we got those doors, this bench. What is that? What is that? Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm going back. Oh, my God. I think she tried to jump scare me, but I looked away. Nice try. What? Hey, stop it. Please. Okay, I guess, we're on floor 3, so I did it correctly. Hi, skibidi toilet. Why is my walking only coming out of my left headphone? I have no idea. Okay. Does this all look right? Was there always a hand sanitizer on here? For some reason, I feel like that's not right. Oh, my God. Okay, everything looks normal so far, unless you're changing little stuff. Which, if you're changing little stuff, that's very unfair. I just started the game. All right, I'm just gonna say that everything looks good. And we're gonna go forward. Please go to 4. Don't reset me. I did nothing wrong. Yes. Oh, wait. This is a dark area. That doesn't look right. I'm going back home. Thank you. Nice try, though. Not trusting that. I already know that's an anomaly. Okay, and now we're on 5. This is kind of weird, bro. I have to remember this entire room layout in 2 different ways. I need to remember it when it's facing this direction and the other way. What's going on? The lights are flickering. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I don't know why that scared me so bad. I didn't like that. Am I right? No? Please be 6. Please. Yes, I was right. Haha. Guess who's the goat? It's me. Yeah, what you gonna do about it, huh? All right, let's keep going. I'm not seeing anything weird in this room. Although, weren't the books supposed to be on, like, the bench? Or am I tripping? I feel like I'm tripping. I can't really... Ew, there's a spider up there. Was there always a spider up there? Yeah. What happens if I walk up to it? Yeah. Oh, gross. Oh, gross. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, there's big spiders. Oh, I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders at all. Don't you dare spawn one in my room now. What? What? Don't turn your back. Don't look away and don't blink. Where am I? Where am I? Can I go that way? Oh, my God. I have to go in the ghost kid's room? Why would you take me here? Oh, my God. I'm not turning back. I'm not looking away. Pick up or use the bottle? What is that supposed to mean? I'm not looking back. I'm gonna look back. Oh, God. Was that a bad idea? What bottle do I do? What? Do I pick this up? What? Wait, what is this? It's a whole cutscene? Kid, what are you... Oh, this kid's a nerd. NaCl, I'm pretty sure that's sodium chloride. K, that's potassium. Yeah, no, I don't know science at all, bro. Why'd you turn into a skeleton? Why is everyone a skeleton? Oh. They're all weeping, eh? Whoa, he's moving. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get me out of here. Oh, okay. Okay. Good one. Who's walking towards me? Who is walking towards me? It's that one. It's that one. Yeah, I see you, buddy. What was that? Okay, can you stop walking towards me? I see you. I see you, pal. I don't know what these sounds are. I'm just gonna run away. Why is the light red? Why is the light red? What do I do with this bottle? And why is he still walking towards me? Go away. Give me... Dude, drop the bottle. Who's walking near me? I heard footsteps. Okay. I'm just gonna put the bottle right there. Take that. Walk into that bottle. Walk into it. I don't like the fact that you're making sounds at me. Okay, I'm gonna drop the bottle right here. I feel like I'm not doing this correctly. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm supposed to make him step on it. I think I'm stupid. Okay, do I take the bottles over to the red light? That's probably what I do, huh? Oh, God. LICL. Okay, that goes right here. What? Use it on that. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait a second. I think I just activated 2 skeletons now. There's 2 skeletons on my booty? Are you serious? Okay, let's grab this one. This one. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, what is this one? EM. I don't need EM. Oh, no. What do I need? I need K. Okay. As long as they're stacked on top of each other, this is fine. Okay, let's place K down. Uh-oh. There's a 3rd skelly bro on me. All right, everyone group up over here, okay? Yes. Stand right there in a group. Okay, now, let me just see what else I need. I need CACL2, NaCl, and... Okay, I'm not gonna remember these. Go away. Okay. CACL2. Please. Please. They're all walking towards me. I can't even tell which one it is. Okay, that's CUCL. I think that's one. I think I actually... Oh my god, this is about to get so hard, bro. CUCL2. That's one, right? Yes, it is. Boom. Uh-oh, skibbity. Oh, you little skibbity toilets. You keep walking towards me. I'm looking at you. Okay, everyone just come to this back corner. Let's go. Go ahead, tickle my booty. I like it. Just kidding. Okay, go ahead. I'm kidding. Weirdos. Okay, stop inching your way over. I need NaCl and CaCl2. Okay. CaCl2. I got it. Yeah, that's right. What's y'all weirdos gonna do about it, huh? Trying to touch my butt and stuff. I'm just gonna place this right here. All right, don't you... Ew. Oh, this one's fast. He's a fast little boy. Okay, I just need NaCl. NaCl, let's go. NaCl. Oh my god. Weird skeletons. Why are you still walking? NaCl. Oh my god, it's right there. Okay, don't freak out. NaCl, give me that thing. Oh yeah. What y'all skelly bros gonna do about it? I got your NaCl. And I gonna place it right here. Boom. Oh yeah. Okay, now I can leave, right? I can leave. I am so out of here. Whoa! Go away. Let me out. Oh my god. And now we're on floor 100. We just skipped ahead so many floors. It says, I will be waiting for you on the 666th floor. Don't tell me I actually have to do all that, bro. Wait, now it's changed. Now the classroom's opened up and I have to remember this. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be impossible. Got the yellow thing there, microscope. That kid's in the corner. Dude, this is a weird anomaly game. Okay, I'm gonna try and memorize all of these objects, I guess. I also got this whiteboard thing. Okay, a painting. 2 skeletons. One's facing the window, one's facing away. A little mirror sink, and then, okay, a bird. I think I've gotten a good snapshot of what the classroom is supposed to look like. Now, let's just hope I can do that in the next one. Let's keep going. Hi there, kitty cat. I love you. You're my favorite. All right, 101. Let's make sure everything's normal. Okay, looks good. Was that table always flipped over like that? That's such a small change. I feel like it was like that, and maybe I just didn't notice. I don't see any changes unless they were small. I could go back and view the previous level, but I'm just gonna say nothing changed. Huh? Is that correct? Please. I swear, game. Okay, yes, it was correct. We're so smart. I'm so smart, not you. Okay, I'm about to get flamed in the comments. I'm sorry. Okay, something looks very different. I don't think it's supposed to be hardwood floors, right? I'm pretty sure it was a different flooring. I'm gonna go back. All right, thank you very much. Also, I don't know why there's an anime girl here, by the way. I just chosen to ignore it. Was I correct about the floors? Oh, no. Well, we're still on 103, so I think there was an anomaly, but there was hardwood floors. Yikes. Oh, you skeletons are not supposed to be doing that pose. What are you doing? That's not normal. Yeah, I'm going back. That skeleton is not supposed to be posed like that. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye. 104. Oh, yeah. I'm getting a little too confident in myself. Oh, the bird moved. There was never a bird here. Ever. Why your eyeballs look like... Why are you moving? Stop moving like that. I want to memorize the rest of this place. Okay. Laptop, school, yes, skeletons. I know the anomaly's right there. I'm just making sure I remember everything else in here. Snapshot with my eyes. Yeah. All right, good. Okay, let's go back now. Thank you, Mr. Bird. You made it very easy on me. Give me 105. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, what's going on? Don't look at them. Don't look at... Oh, yeah. Oh, don't look at them. Okay, I'll try not to. Should I just... I kind of want to look. I should not look at them. I should not look. I'm not going to look. Who's doing that? Who's doing that? I don't like that sound. I'm just going to look straight at this. Okay? I'm not looking at anyone. I'm not. Am I supposed to get somewhere? Hey! Oh, I saw you in the corner of my eye. Oh my god. 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 What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Am I supposed to make it through here? I'm gonna look straight down. I don't like the crawling sounds. What are you doing here, bro? Oh my god. Go away. 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 Get me out. Did I do it correctly? Was I supposed to go out the other door? Oh my god. Please take me to level 500. Oh, 106. Okay, thank you. I really hope nothing changes out in this hallway. I hope it's only classroom stuff that can change now. Because you can't keep adding rooms and expecting me to remember all of it, okay? My brain's not big enough for that. Wait. Was this bird always here? I guess maybe it was. Why are you acting sus, buddy? Are you sus? No, you're not. Does he just not even care that he's here? Is that even a real human? I don't know. Okay, bird, you're good. Locker, you're good. I think everything's good. I still don't know if this bird was ever really here. Nothing's really popping out to me. Nah, that's what I look like? I'm chopped. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go straight forward. I mean, if there was an anomaly, it wasn't very obvious, okay? It was probably a small little change that I didn't see. Uh-oh.
Don't listen, search them with your eyes. Search who with my eyes? Okay, search who? Where am I? What is this? What? Yo, what in the world am I even looking at? Okay, it said not to listen and to search with my eyes. Who am I searching for? Who? Can you at least give me a hint? Am I supposed to be looking for those weird humans or something? Are there anomalies I'm supposed to be looking at? Wait, I'm confused. Oh, do I go inside maybe? What do I search for? You said not to listen. What's going on? I just got... I'm so confused. I am so confused. Where... Dude, I'm in the back rooms. Oh my god. Help me. What is this? Who put me here? Who's watching me? I don't like you. Uh-oh. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Don't kill me, sir. What is that? A flip-flop? Oh, it's a phone. I'm stupid. Okay, never mind. I saw... Ew! Okay, you want me to throw the brush? I'll do it. There you go. There, I threw it. Now what do you want me to do? Where are you? You want me to... What? I'm gonna throw it. I threw it. Where do you want me to throw it at? Huh? I can't even see where you are, lady. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. Go away. Go away. I'm gonna throw the brush at you. I don't like you. Oh, God. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where are you talking to me from? Ooh, you're getting close. Okay. Yep. I'm so done with this game now. No one wants to play with you. Okay? Take that. Oh, God. Oh, no. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where are you, little girl? Ew, there you are. I see you. You scare me. I don't even know what you said. Say something about me being alone. I'm not lonely. I hear something. I hear something. Who did that? Who's there? Hello? Oh, my God. Ah, I caught ya. Nice try. Oh. Go away. Go away. Did I see another one up here or am I tripping? Oh, I'm tripping. Never mind. Oh, ew. Wait a second. Are there multiple? There's multiple. Why is there multiple? You can't do this. Ew, that one's coming out of the wall. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't let them come out of the wall, Cash. Do not let them come out of the wall. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. I see you up there. Wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ew. Gross. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to go silent and lock in. Oh, did I win? Oh my God. Hey, this game is so freaky, bro. Where am I now? What in the Martin is going on? There's a bed and it's on the ceiling? This is not where I'm supposed to be. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to figure out which ones are anomalies? There's 2 beds right here. Can I make it out through this exit pathway? No. Do I go back out through the doors? You're not really telling me what to do, so I'm gonna go back through the doors. Okay. Wow. I did not like that. Please let me skip a few levels. Take me to like 150 or something. Oh, 200. Oh, yeah. Okay. We are cooking right now. But I think I still have to search for anomalies. Oh, now it's a hospital room I have to remember. Ah, okay. We got 3 beds and a table. Weird blanket. Man sitting awkwardly on a wheelchair. Got a bunch of these cabinets. Tall cabinet here. Bed. 4 cabinets. Phone, laptop, notebook. 3 chairs. All right. And then we got a few wheelchairs and stuff here. Okay. I took my snapshot. I will remember this from now on. Wait, where did I come from? Oh, I came from over there. So I need to go this way. All right. I can remember that. Easy. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I got this. Okay. Obviously, I can see there's a huge glowing little cube orb. SCP-999. I know that's not supposed to be there, so I'm going back. Thank you. Game's too easy at this point. I'm cooked. Okay, I'm gonna pet my cat. Hi, buddy. I love you. Now, let's see. We got the 3 chairs. Got that. Yep. 3 beds with a table. Was there always a table with a cabinet here? I don't know. Okay, we got the man on the wheelchair. Cabinets, more cabinets, bed, chair, tables, laptop, phone. Yep. Okay, everything looks good. I just don't really remember if this was ever here. And this clipboard with this notebook. Okay, I'm gonna say that it was there the entire time. Please, don't tell me I was wrong. Please. Come on. And where are we at? 203? Why is that phone placed there? I knew it was the phone. Okay, fine. At least we only got reset to 200. Wait, which phone was it even talking about? Because I know it's not that one. I know that was there. Was there a phone on here? I don't even remember. Okay, I'm going to say that this place is good. There's no anomalies. Or at least I hope. Let's see. Come on, 201. Yes, thank you. Okay, let's look a little closer now, Cash. Don't fumble this. Oh, hi, buddy. I don't know why you're there, but you're an anomaly. Thank you. Easy. All right, what do we got next? Was there always a speaker little thing down there? I don't know. I genuinely cannot tell if something changed. If something changed, it's very slight. Okay, I'm gonna say that nothing changed. Oh God, if I'm wrong, I'm so cooked. Let's just go through. I swear, please don't be wrong. Please. Come on.
What phone are you talking about?
I don't know what phone. Where? Can I go see the previous level? I should probably go check it real quick. Let me go see what I missed. Okay, so where was the phone that you're talking about? Huh? Because I see this phone, but I mean, that was... What did I just press? What did I just press? What did I press? Oh. It's just a sound. What? What is going on with this phone? Really? All right. So can I just go back now? Thank you. I'm leaving. Yo, let me leave. I can't leave. Oh, I have to press the clock, don't I? Okay. Something looks off. Can't put my finger on it. Oh, the phone slightly moved, bro. That was such a small movement. Like, what? How am I ever supposed to see that slight movement? Eddie. Are you Eddie? You can't make these anomalies that small, bro. Also, wait. Was this chair always here? I honestly have no idea. What if I do this to you? Yeah. You like that? My brain cannot take this much information, bro. I can't remember. I'm gonna say that it's all clear, even though it's probably not, huh? Come on, give it to me. That's an all clear, isn't it? You better not reset me. Let me go forward. Come on, do it to me. Yeah. Oh, hello there, Mr. SCP. You make this game very easy for me. Let's go. 201. All right, 202. Anything off about this? I'm not seeing anything off, honestly. Are you weird? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this looks just about as normal as everything else to me. Okay, I'm gonna say that nothing changed. I don't think, at least. Oh, God, I really hope nothing changed. Yeah, we go forward this way. Huh? I swear, if I miss something, bro, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Yes. I'm getting so good. Are you guys proud of me? You better be. Something about these tables looks off. Like, is that an extra table? I honestly cannot tell. Are you supposed to be sitting like that on your chair? I'm gonna say yes. Why does it feel like something's missing? Can't put my finger on it. So you know what? I'm just gonna go straight forward. I don't... Wait. What happens if I close this door? Nothing? Okay. Well, I'm going through. I didn't miss anything, did I? Oh, God. Come on. Come on. Don't make it impossible anomalies. Please. Yes. Oh, the phone moved. Who's calling? Is it gonna be the same thing again? You better not be. Yep, it's the same thing. Just go ahead, play the sound effect. Yep, okay. Thank you, bro. All right, well, at least everything else here looks pretty normal. I can memorize all this since I know the phone's the anomaly. Alrighty, Martin. I got a better memory now. Let's go backwards. Boom, take me to 205. Yes, skibbity yes. 205. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, one of the following rules is incorrect. Monster have flower tattoo. One of the odd numbers is wrong. The monster's DNA has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. Who are you trying to save? Wait, what? Okay, which monster has a flower tattoo? Who am I trying to save? I don't know who I'm trying to save. Oh, I cannot figure this out in time. Am I supposed to check their documents or something? I'm trying to... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I cooked? Whoa, back away, kid. Back away, kid. You're not catching me. No, you're not. No. Yo, you get away from me, buddy. You got a weird, freaky old head. I don't like it. I don't like it. Go away. Go away. You're gross. You're grody. You're grody. You're grody. Go away, go away. Okay, wait, he touched my butt. So do I go backwards? Was that an anomaly or does that not count? Go ahead, tell me. What was that? What was that? Hello? Oh, 206. Oh, yeah. Okay, Martin. Let's memorize this place to a T. You gotta make sure to take your time while you're doing this, okay? All right, I'm bored. I'm gonna say nothing changed. Honestly, I didn't even see anything, so I hope I'm right. If something changed, it was very small. Again, I want a lollipop. I want a lollipop. I don't seem to have checked some places on the back. Well, okay, I gotta see what you're talking about. Take me back. What did I not check on the back? On the back of what? On the back of this? He was sent to a mental hospital as a child where he felt endless loneliness and worldly oppression. What am I looking at? Who are you? Hey, I don't like it. Stop. Yeah, who are you? You're gross. You little skibbity. Do it again. Do it again. I dare you. Oh, God, he's gonna jump scare me. Don't you dare jump scare me. Can I walk up to him? What you gonna do? Oh, okay. So is that it? There's no more weird cutscenes? I'm gonna say no. Okay, skibbity toilet. Get me out of here. Gotta press the clock. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna save my game, but since I'm running out of time, let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 and to see me actually complete this game 100%. If you do, just drop a like and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Today, we played Among Us, but we added a traitor role. The traitor only spawns in when one of the imposters die, and they switch from being innocent to now being a killer. So randomly throughout the game, somebody's gonna swap to being a traitor, and we have to figure out who it is. Let's see if we can do it. And now it is time to start the first round. So let's see what roles we get. All right, new role. Ooh, imposter. No, I'm just kidding. I was unmuted when I said that. I actually got investigator. I'm innocent. As investigator, I could see everybody's footprints. So I can see if somebody kills or not. Now, should I go look around? Okay, well, that's Teal. That's Juliet right there. Is Juliet about to kill someone? Peanut, did you kill someone? I'm about to see a dead body. I know Peanut's venting. Zoe's over there. I'm about to see somebody dead over here this way. VMT. Alyssa went this way. Wait, what? Okay, Meebo's right there. I'm looking for footprints. I want to see if anybody's
somebody dies. Shady, Juliet. Wait a second. What's going on here? Did somebody vent? I am so confused right now. I think somebody must have gotten clean. It had to happen. Now, who's hopping in and out of vents right now? Okay, it's Mia over there venting. Peanut just came from down here, and Zoe came from over here. Everybody's just venting around the place. This is so confusing. I'm just trying to look around. All right, Mia. Did you kill Nico? Be honest with me. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Get away from me, Mia. Get away. Let me go. Let me go. Let me leave. Okay, wait. Juliet, Alyssa, Shady. Everyone's still alive. Let's check cams. Very, very interesting. All right, let's go back down this way. I'm just looking at everyone's footprints, and I feel like people are just getting killed and cleaned. Am I about to see a dead body? Am I about to see a dead body? Yo, what is going on? There's so many footprints. Peanut, Meebo, Alyssa, Zoe.
It wasn't me and Shady. It wasn't me and Shady.
All right, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna let him cook.
It wasn't me and Shady. Y'all just standing by the dead body.
It's VMT. Murdered him in cold blood, hopped in a vent, went to cams, and he's just dilly-dallying and twiddling with his fingers, bro.
They ran out of electrical.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because comms were off and the person ran.
Are you 100% sure? Because I feel like someone might have vented.
Well, okay, possibly.
Just a hunch based off of something I have.
Nico was the one person I wanted to stay alive this game.
And you killed it.
1, 2, 3, that's enough for me. Alyssa's off the ship.
No, I'm not gonna yell, but I'm just trying to find out why you and Mia were actually standing over Nico's dead body. Like, I'm actually trying to find that out.
Mia, you were acting really weird, not gonna lie, but like, I just low-key just went in there and just admired the corpse. Like, I don't know.
No. Hear me out. Okay, so one, I wanted to show Shady that Nico was dead. And two, I actually beforehand was looking for the person that ran out of electrical, but they were already gone. So then I started running back in, and then Shady was behind me, and then
Which way did they run?
they ran left. So the way you came from.
So then it would have had to be VMT.
How, twin? I'm up north in cafeteria next to Juliet, bro. Who was next to Juliet?
You was in security, my brother.
Yes, I was in security. Correct.
I saw Meebo leaving electrical.
So you're saying it was Meebo?
So it's possible.
Wait, what?
It's possible, but I don't know. I didn't see the person leave. I watched them leave, but I didn't see them. The comms were off.
Okay, I'm kind of sus of Mia and Shady because Shady said he's admiring the dead body, and you said you were trying to show Shady the dead body. So there's
Okay, because Nico died.
I didn't vote for you, VMT, by the way.
Well, it looked like everyone was against each other right there. I'm not gonna lie. I just want to look at footprints. That's it. Can I do that in peace? Let me do that in peace. Thank you. All right. Is Juliet about to hop in that vent? Oh, wait, no. She just secured that vent. So I think Juliet's safe. Oh, nah. People hopping around now. Okay. What's going on? VMT stuck right there. He's trying to get in through the top, and he's trying to walk into admin right now. Alyssa just walked out of med bay. Same with Minor and Zoe. Okay, Skibbity. This is very interesting. Oh, gosh. Comms are disabled. That's not good. I don't like that. Oh, gosh. Am I dead here? Okay, Alyssa, Meebo. Did Meebo kill up here? I need to make sure. I swear, Meebo, if you killed. Oh, gosh. Peanut might kill me right here. I'm safe. Minor came from this way. Man, tracking these footprints are so hard right now. Squid went over here. Huh. What happened?
Alyssa is chasing me around the table. It's Alyssa.
Zoe, is it you?
No, I medbayed with Minor.
I saw Zoe and Minor medbay scan, and then I went down, and then I saw Meebo running around, and then I was just following Meebo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minor medbayed too. Also, she threw me under the bus last time. Guys, I medbayed.
Cash, where you been at all game, bro?
I've been walking around, bruh. You know it's not me. Bruh. Come on.
Anyways, I'm done with my tasks.
It's not Cash.
Who in the vent in cafeteria just sitting in the vent? I know they can't move because they jester, bro. That person, the jester in there, they stuck in there.
Oh, nah. Did Juliet medbay, Minor?
No, Juliet wasn't with us. It was just Alyssa, Minor, and me.
A visual task. Okay.
That's for Squid.
What?
Yeah, Squid. Kind of quiet.
I'm just a task doing good Samaritan. Is that against the law?
He's being a good old crewmate, bro.
It really is Meebo or VMT that killed Nico in electrical. It really is Meebo or VMT.
Okay, but is Meebo trolling or like what?
How about I take that box off of Meebo's mouth and kiss him?
You guys are throwing.
But I'm just saying, it's you or Meebo. I know that for sure.
All right, there's way too many people in this game for me to keep track of what's going on. I'm not gonna lie. People are getting killed. People are getting cleaned. I don't like any of it. I don't like it at all. But I could watch cams. Do I want to though? No, not really. Peanut, VMT, Minor. Oh gosh, everybody's here. I don't like that. Oh nah. Who's that? Okay, Mia just hopped in a vent. If somebody dies, don't report the body. If somebody dies, do not report. Okay, Mia was the one that hopped in the vent. I know that. And Squid went this way. Huh. Is he venting around as well? Squid, I know you're in there. Open up, dude. Squid? Oh nah, he vented out. out. Okay, I know Squid's probably safe. Is it Zoe and Shady? Or is it VMT and Peanut? I have no idea. Okay, well, Zoe and Shady are in here now. I'm checking cams. Everyone's all around the place. And I'm really sus of what Mia's doing. I don't trust her. Meebo's following me around. What the skib? Why he doing that? Mia came from over here. Did she kill? Did you kill someone, Mia? I just want to know. This is really weird. Nobody wants to kill. What?
Who killed him?
Everyone listen up.
I'm listening.
Wait, Alyssa killed me.
What? Alyssa killed Juliet?
I was revived, but Alyssa killed me. Miner says it too.
Oh, did Shady sacrifice himself? I told y'all, but y'all wouldn't listen.
That's true. That's true.
I'll believe it. Okay.
I say we vote Alyssa.
Wait, VMT killed Shady?
I swear it happens every round. I just catch a stray. I was like, what if I just be silent? What's gonna happen? And I'll still catch a stray.
If Juliet came back to life, then Shady had to have been that one, like, recovery roll, or whatever it is called. Vote Alyssa first, then we vote VMT.
Crazy Clam. What happened to Meebo? What happened to Meebo just throwing a random stray the second he presses the button? What happened to that?
Oh. Meebo was with Cash the whole round.
Yeah, he was with me.
Why would we vote out such an insane duo, though?
Get him out.
Wrap it up. There's Alyssa out. She was one imposter, and apparently everyone thinks it's VMT. So, I guess he may be cooked. Oh my god. Oh my god. VMT, don't you dare, dude. Don't you dare kill us. I know you're gonna kill one of us, and I don't trust you. Okay, really?
Well, GG, I guess.
So we really finna be in that whole group?
What?
I don't care. I wanted to kill Meebo.
Oh, nah. That is messed up.
He was throwing strays on my twin, bro.
Nah.
Needed my vengeance.
10 Robux per vote if you guys vote me.
Actually, you know what? Yeah.
No. She's the jester, and she's trying to get the win.
No, I'm not Jester. I'm Engineer.
What if it's Cash?
Wait, what if it is Cash?
You already said you wanted to kill Meebo. I think it's cooked.
Dude, come on!
Who voted Mia? Okay, I literally should have voted Mia.
Oh, Maya.
I was not clutching that.
Let's go.
They're the traitor! They're the traitor!
Oh, wait a second. I'm the traitor now. So apparently I can kill and nobody will know. Okay, so it's time for me to cook then. So apparently we have a traitor in the game and it's me. I'm just gonna kill Peanut right here and then vent. Let's go over here and then hop. And I could sabotage as well if I wanted to. Oh gosh, Juliet and Miner are here. Okay, good. I have a feeling Mia is sus. Okay, so I know Mia's Jester. I don't think we have an engineer, but they might win on tasks, which is not good. I think the Miner revived. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I gotta go. We have a traitor. Oh, and Peanut's dead.
Okay, it's not Mia.
Come on.
It's one of us in here.
Where was everyone? Where was everyone?
We saw you, Squid.
For a second, though, did you see the other side?
Okay, well, I expected that to happen.
It's Squid!
It is not me. The body was in electrical. Mia, I vented to electrical after we were jumping in and out of the vent, and that's where the body was.
What?
So I don't think it was Zoe or Mia.
Or was it Mia? Guys, I'm just gonna vote Mia.
No.
The door was closed. I was trying to walk in.
Where was Cash and Juliet?
I did reactor, and then I totally walked past electrical. I didn't even realize. But I'm looking around. Okay, I won't stay my role, but I know exactly how to figure it out.
Well, I can vouch for Zoe. It's not Zoe or me.
I don't think it was Zoe either, and I know it's not you.
Possibly. I don't know about Juliet.
I agree.
I saw him for a second, but like not too long. I don't know.
Miner is hard clear. So is Zoe. I was in med bay. I got stuck behind closed doors.
But are you clear, Juliet?
It could be Cash. Cash could have killed and then ran and pressed the button.
No.
Well, we're gonna win anyway in like one more task, so.
Yeah, let's just skip.
Why would you want to skip? Is it because you're the imposter?
She couldn't have been. She was with me.
It was Cash.
All right, let's run this way. I must do a sabotage. No, who just sabotaged comms? What? I wanted to do reactor. Why? Why you do this? Oh my god. Oh my god. We must sabotage something else. Get me out of here. Get me out. I need to leave. I need to leave. I can't let them do the last task. Oh gosh. Am I cooked, chat? Am I cooked? Zoe, Squid. Okay, I think we're good. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
That was not me.
That was Cash. Are you sure?
That was not me.
That had to have been Cash because Mia was in the vent and Squid was next to me. Unless Squid is just overpowered.
What just happened? Am I confused? Or is the game bugged?
It was me.
Get Cash out of here. Get him out.
No, it has to be Cash. I'm voting Cash. Because we didn't see Miner and then Squid was with us.
What happened was Miner and Cash went towards electrical. That's when Cash killed Miner. And then Cash just killed it in cafeteria in front of all of us.
There's no way Squid pulls off a play like this.
Yeah.
I was with Zoe for too long for me to get 2 kills that round.
Squid had no time to kill Miner because he was on admin with us. So I don't know. Unless he was like early. But I'm pretty sure we saw Miner.
It could have just been the other imposter.
No, there's only one traitor right now.
So who do I vote? Are y'all voting me or am I voting someone else?
Vote yourself out. Vote yourself out. It's you.
Okay. I'll vote myself out. Or we could just do our last task.
No, they're not doing it.
Which one of you is it?
Mia, I was following Zoe the whole time when you were fixing comms, so it couldn't have been me who killed Miner.
Wait, yeah, I can vouch for that because he was wobbling around me.
I already voted Cash, but I don't know if it's saying I voted.
Cash, did you guess?
Oh, no, I didn't vote yet.
Oh, so you're the traitor. If it's not you, then who?
Who is dead right now and who didn't guess? Because there's 2 votes that have not happened.
Zoe, if it's not Cash, you better go on a nice run because I'm going to an event.
I'm scared!
Oh, I think I'm cooked anyways.
That was enough.
Mama, I'm chasing a ghost.
In my defense, I killed Mia, but she's still in the game somehow. How does that work?
What?
She's been dead on my screen for so long.
Huh.
I was so scared.
Cash got cheated out of that. That's crazy.
It looks like I got neutral. Oh. Does this mean I get to be Jester? It does. Aha. Okay, and as the Jester, I have to pretend to be the imposter. So, you know what? I'm not gonna help out with whatever that sabotage is. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna vent. Oh, wait, I can't hide in this vent. Let me go to a different one, actually. Did somebody kill over here? I swear, if I get killed, I'm gonna be so mad. All right, let's go over here and hop in his vent. Yeah, I know I look sus right now. Mia's probably waiting to see if I get out. I don't know what role everybody else is, though. So I kind of want to figure that out. Is anybody dead? Oh, yeah, Zoe's dead. Okay. Well, Zoe's the first one down. Who did
I
it?
wish it was that easy, brother.
It was me. I'm sorry.
Oh, nah.
So, who did it?
Miner says it was Squid.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't know.
We gotta let Meebo talk. He was the one that reported.
Zoe was dead in upper reactor.
Okay, upper reactor. Who was over there?
Me and Squid were in electrical.
You guys were in electrical. You could have vented to upper reactor.
Alyssa standing weird and electrical.
Okay, I was low-key AFK for a second trying to grab a snack, but...
Nah, she killed her and then she just stood still. That's crazy. I'm down to skip.
I don't think we have info, so we could skip.
Okay. I have medbay.
All right, we can go watch that. Clear Meebo. Meebo said he has medbay, so we can go clear him to see if he's really safe. Let's go watch him do it. All right, Meebo. He does have medbay. Okay, good. So we are chilling then. Oh gosh, are we about to die in here? Are we about to die? Be real with me right now. Let me out. I don't want to die as Jester. I want to play my game, please. Who's over here? Miner is AFK at the table. Okay. Meebo's over here. I trust him. This is very interesting. I don't know where everyone's at. All right. I guess I could just vent for now. Let's camp an event. Actually, never mind. The lights are turning off. I want people to be sus of me, so what if I just vent camp the entire game so no one sees me? They'll probably be like, hey, Cash wasn't around us. All right, there we go. Alyssa and Mia just walked that way. I can follow them upwards. Mia and Alyssa are still in there. I'm watching y'all. All right, let's go up here and then let's vent. Who just closed those doors on me? Is Alyssa trying to trap me or something? No, Mia is. Mia's the one trying to trap me all the time. I don't trust any of y'all. Is Mia chasing the peanut down? Oh, nah. Okay, well, I think Alyssa just watched me vent, so that's not good. Actually, that's really good. I want her to vote me out. Peanut and Squid are here. Lights are going out. Is anybody even dead?
I'm not sure if Cash is gonna vouch for me here, but Alyssa and Mia, they murdered Miner. Or I don't even know who it was. They murdered Miner and then it got cleaned.
Where?
They have been walking together.
I was AFK again.
I don't think Cash is gonna vouch for me because I feel like I know what he is, but it's Alyssa and Mia.
Vouch for you? How? What do you mean?
I'm not gonna say why you should vouch for me, but I think you know how.
I don't think I know how.
I just saw you run by me. That was it.
I could be tweaking. I don't know what he did.
It was Alyssa and Mia. They killed and I don't even know. They killed and then they cleaned it. 100% bang out.
I am down to vote Alyssa because I was sus of her first time around.
All right.
Alyssa first.
Sorry guys, I hate to do it to you, but like you can't just be killing my boy like that. You know what I'm saying?
Alyssa, vote.
No.
Hey.
No.
Let's just wait 60 seconds then. I mean, it literally says imp right there.
Yeah, the game did snitch on you.
I thought I was the only one who saw that. Uh-huh.
Oh, it's right.
Apparently the other one's Mia. That's what Shady's saying at least. Mia, are you sus? Are you sus? You are. She is very sus. Very skibbity. Alright, well, I think she's probably gonna lose this. We could press the button and just vote her out right now, but I think we're waiting for her to kill. And to think of it, she's probably gonna kill Shady.
I shot Mia.
How did you see them clean the kill?
I was in the vent.
Oh.
And you were in the vent too, Cash?
I couldn't move around in the vents though.
Oh, you couldn't? You were stuck in the bottom one? I didn't know that. I thought you were watching too. I thought you were just sitting up there not doing anything. Like the same thing I was doing.
It's time to go again. And my role is imposter. Oh, okay. I like that. And it looks like I'm the janitor, so I can kill whoever I want. All right, well, let's go. You know, I'm gonna just vent around the place because I know that nobody's gonna care. And I don't know who my imposter buddy is. I'm not gonna lie. Is it Miner? Oh, wait, no, he's medbaying. He's not the other imposter. Okay, then let's go over here. I'm watching you guys. Alyssa's my second imposter. Very interesting. All right, I guess we can keep going then. We're being watched. We're being watched. We must move. I think somebody definitely saw us kill. I'm not really sure though. Nico, Shady, VMT. Alyssa's still here. Okay, very interesting. Oh my god. Hey, which one of you was it?
What was that? that?
Okay, Alyssa.
Was it Shady or was it Alyssa? I genuinely did not look at that.
I think it's shady because I went into decontamination and then
Cash, you were literally there. You saw Alyssa jump, bro.
It could be Alyssa too, Nico. I don't know if you saw it.
Mabel was cleaned and killed.
You know it was not me, right?
let me talk about my thoughts real quick.
Nico, we ain't finna act like you didn't vent in decontamination.
Yeah, but we're not gonna act like you didn't either.
Oh, nah.
Okay, so it's Nico and Alyssa? That's what I'm getting out here.
So it's either Nico, Alyssa, or Shady?
I mean, what did the death look like?
Someone got their neck snapped in front of me, Cash, and Alyssa.
And it took out VMT?
Was it VMT or?
Yeah, it was VMT. I saw the body.
4 people can vent.
Oh, no.
2 imposters, the jester and the engineer.
What's the consensus? Are we voting here? And if so, who?
It's either one of you guys, Alyssa, Shady,
Yeah.
or Cash.
Do we even have to vote though?
At least one of the imposters is Shady or Alyssa.
Are we just being blindsided and it was Cash that killed?
I'm just gonna skip for now.
I was walking around trying to figure out which one of you jumped.
Alright, whatever.
I guess we skip for now. I don't know why Alyssa killed right in front of me right there. That was just not smart. Nico was over there in the corner. It would have been way too obvious. All right. Well, anyways, we can keep moving over here. I'm gonna watch Shady, but should I watch him? That's the thing. You know what? I'll follow him. Hello, Martin. Okay. Is he just gonna stand in the middle? Why he's standing over there? And what's Squid doing? Alyssa's AFK. Very interesting. Very sus. I'm just gonna go up this way. Miner's in there. Squid's in there. I gotta find a clean kill to do without anybody seeing. I could kill Squid right here. All right, let's get out. Now we leave. Vent. Get me out of here. Okay. I could go back there and clean it, but do I want to do that?
Oh, nah! I saw that!
Where was it at?
It's a greenhouse.
Oh. Wait, it's right above me.
It was Alyssa!
That actually was not me.
All right, that's an easy vote right there. I'm just gonna vote.
Girl, I would not kill somebody and then not vent, like, to be honest.
You know what? I think Alyssa might be jester or an imposter. I think Alyssa might be a jester or an imposter.
Nico, how did you get into reactor?
Well, I vented.
Oh.
Okay.
Bro's narrowing down his roles.
No, from admin.
Okay.
Peanut and Nico, I'm watching you.
Can you vent from admin to laboratory?
Yeah, this map literally allows you to vent wherever.
I'm 25% dead.
I can vouch for Zoe.
I'm sus of Alyssa still. I think Alyssa's either a jester or an imposter because she just sounds very jestery.
And she has that jester hat on. Look at her. Look at her dumb character.
That's a wizard!
Why would I stand on the body? Like, why would I do that? Like,
Now she's playing into the bit, but it could be reverse psychology.
I have no info.
All right, well.
Oh, like I know she's the imposter. Like don't even play with me.
Oh, yeah, I think it's Alyssa and Shady, and then it might have been a double kill, and then one of them didn't kill, and then Cash reported.
I didn't report the last one. I stood on the body because I was confused what happened.
Yo, I didn't even report the last one.
We're all muted up again. I could get a kill right now if I wanted to, but do I want to do that? We must be safe. Okay, gotta make sure that nobody dies here. Hello, Zoe. Hello there, Martin. All right, I'm just gonna walk back down here. I don't want to sabotage just yet. I want to figure out who's doing what. What role is Nico? Alyssa's following. Juliet's here. Okay, very interesting. Miner's there. Who's about to come up? Who is that? Shady. Oh, nah. Okay, well, we might be dead. Get me out. Get me out. I want to leave, but I also want to watch. All right, let's go. Hello, Juliet and Mia. Hello, guys. Peanut, Zoe. I wonder if everyone in reactor is still safe. Let's just use the vents. I really don't need to move around like how I'm doing right now. Is anybody down here? Oh, we can move. Okay, Mia's over there. You doing medbay, and she's the snitch. Oh gosh, I'm trapped in a vent. I must kill Mia. I must kill her. I could sacrifice. I need to sabotage though. Let's sabotage comms. Oh my god. Kill Mia. Oh my god. Get me out of here.
Why'd you report it?
You Martin.
I think it was Cash, though.
No, I was trying to figure out who that was. I was keeping track of everybody there.
No, it's definitely Alyssa then.
So it's Cash and Alyssa. It's Cash and Alyssa. Oh my god.
I was trying to get through the door and then I saw a dead body.
You skibberty. I wasn't the one who reported it.
Cash, where were you? Where were you? Where are you right now? Where are you right now?
I am right under the door.
Cap! You're at the top of decontamination. I was chasing you.
No, I was not.
All right, I just voted for Alyssa. It's an easy vote there.
No, vote for Cash for this one, right?
No, Alyssa. We know it's Alyssa. We know it's Alyssa. We know it's Alyssa. Get Alyssa out now.
You Martins.
Okay, okay.
Cash, don't act like you weren't running away from me in decontamination, bruh.
You were!
Don't act like you weren't running from me.
That was not me.
Stop running from me, boy.
All right, really, bro?
Please don't be a jester.
Get Cash out!
Okay, well, that's one down, and now they just think it's me. What do I do here? Maybe I should go hide in the vents. I think that might be the strat. Hello, Miner. All right, they might be chasing me down. I'm not gonna lie. But what I could do is just go over here and hop in some vents and kill everybody. First, let's look for Zoe. Where's she at? She getting killed first. All right, there's one done. And they found it.
Come on, you know why I'm laughing, bro. You know why I'm laughing, bro. You know why I'm laughing, bro. Come on, say it. Just admit defeat.
Shady got a really good laugh.
Who's he talking to?
So someone killed Zoe and hopped into a vent. I mean, do we have any guesses?
I mean, you're thinking Cash, but who else had visibility?
What are you talking about, visibility?
Could have been a self-report.
That's what I'm thinking.
Nico, you are throwing, brother.
It's a jester.
I mean, if I'm thinking about it, the double kill scenario would have been good. Instead, it was Cash and Alyssa.
Nico, you are throwing, bruh.
What do you mean?
It's Cash. I mean, I know he hopped in a vent and killed.
No, I did not. No, I did not.
Ain't gonna about Cash?
Is anyone else sus of Cash? Okay, if 2 people are sus of Cash, then I'm doing Cash.
What? All right, I tried the dagger. He was not Jester.
Aya!
That's messed up. Okay, time for the next round. Let's see what I get this time. Crewmate. But what role? Spy? Okay, I can plant bugs and find the imposters. This is good. So I need to make sure that nobody sees me do this, but I'm gonna start planting bugs everywhere. And I'm gonna watch all you guys. I could hide in a vent, but I'm not gonna do that just yet. I also don't have medbay. No, I'm not getting killed right now. I am not getting killed. No, thank you. Can I bug this vent though? Oh wait, comms are disabled. Okay, well I cannot bug the vent. It's okay. I will bug all the other vents. I'm not worried about it. Am I gonna get killed up here? Or am I gonna have to fix comms myself? All right, here we go. I'm actually gonna sit in this vent for now. Looks like Miner stopped that vent from working. So I know what role he is. VMT is coming over here. Is he about to hop in a vent? I'm watching everyone through the vents. Oh gosh. Let's go down. VMT and Alyssa are still here. They're staying together. Juliet and Peanut came up. Is Juliet about to kill up here? Hey, who just hopped in? Juliet's waiting to kill. I am very sure that she's there. VMT's back over here by himself. I'm watching. Where is he dead at?
I saw who it was.
Who?
Ah, dude, I'll let them cook for one more round. They better kill me, but they were dead in storage.
No, don't sell this. Don't sell this. Just tell us. Just tell us.
I'm gonna let him cook.
I know who it is.
I don't want to be that guy that sells them out right away.
Tell us, girl.
That's just a fault on their behalf.
It's only fair.
They done killed Zoe and Minor, and you letting them slide again?
Can I have a bodyguard who's safe?
I'll walk with you. I'll walk with you. But if we get double killed, I don't know.
I'm a pro. I saw a shady vent.
You're saying it was shady?
1, 2, 3. That's enough for me. All right.
I'm skipping. I'm skipping.
Okay, so we sus on shady.
If she said she saw it.
Don't let her die.
Also, I saw Nico vent twice.
Yeah, but that's like just your gameplay.
I saw Peanut vent too. Peanut, Nico, and Shady vented.
Half the game be venting, it don't matter anymore.
True that.
You gonna vote?
Oh nah, he's guilty.
The one time I got it. The one time I get it.
You think something's funny, bro. You just wait, bro. You think something's funny. Every time you start mocking me, bro, I always turn up, bro.
That was good. Come on, come on, come on.
Look what you did, Nico. Look what you did.
Yeah, look what you done, bro.
We waited these 50 seconds is crazy.
The one time.
Oh no, Nico messed up by saying that. You never mock shady. Oh gosh. Well, I don't know what I should do, but I'm a little worried. I want to go hop in a vent and just hide from everyone now. I don't trust you guys. Oh god. Oh god. Juliet's camping right now. Oh nah. Oh, get me out. Let me vent. Let me vent. Oh my goodness. I am terrified. I don't want to be here. I can't even leave this vent. Is somebody gonna go fix that? Yo. Oh my goodness. Nobody went to fix that. Peanut.
What?
Why you killed Juliet?
Peanut, did you just kill?
Juliet's dead body was on the bottom.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, what?
It wasn't me.
Then who was it, Peanut?
It was already there.
Was it Alyssa? I was trailing. I was trailing.
Not today.
Oh, not today.
I'm a quick voter. That's a safe one for me.
Please skip, okay?
Nico, I'm surprised you're still alive this round.
I say we vote Peanut. Wait, or he could be Jester, and he could have just found the body, so I don't know.
Exactly, yes.
We do know that.
Okay, so do we vote him?
Yeah, let's just vote Shady out.
Yeah, I think we like know it's
And
him.
then we can let Peanut cook if he's actually the other imposter.
Oh, that's just Shady's a jester.
Yeah, it could be a million IQ Jester.
Good idea, good idea.
But Mia's saying she saw him kill. You said you know who it was.
I mean, he was running from the body, but I didn't see it.
Shady about to make us wait this entire time, guys. I'm sorry.
I appreciate y'all.
This might be a goated Shady Jester playing that show.
Are we gonna wait the 60 seconds because of Nico?
Maniacally laughing the second we vote.
Shady, you're gonna vote?
He's trying to take a shot at somebody.
Yeah.
I am the jester. Believe me, okay?
This act of retaliation is crazy.
Nico caused this. He caused it.
Why'd you have to mock him, bruh?
That one time.
Hey, I don't know what y'all are talking about, bro. I'm already dead. I don't know what y'all are seeing on your screen.
He's not dead. He's not voting.
All right, well, I guess we voted Peanut.
Oh, man.
Wait, is Peanut the Jester though?
What did I tell you?
Oh my gosh!
Who voted Peanut?
That's crazy.
That's my fault. That's my fault.
Nah.
I voted a long time ago. You guys were like, "Bah, Shady gonna make us wait."
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys. Bye. A while ago, I made a video on this Roblox game called Scary Shawarma Kiosk, which is a Roblox game where you spend the night serving food to customers while avoiding the anomalies who try to be human. And you know what happens if you serve too many anomalies? Well...
But ever since I played this game, there's been a lot of updates. Things like new clients and especially new anomalies. Now, it's been a while since I've played this game, but the instructions are pretty simple. We gotta walk behind our shawarma stand and make sure that no one is out here. And basically, when you go in to start your shift, you just gotta keep the lights on. I'm gonna skip this TV because it's boring. And there's a paper here that tells you exactly what to do. All we have to remember is that if a smiling customer comes in, just give him a soda, okay? And then he's gonna give us a wet moving bundle that we have to put under the counter. And also, every Friday at 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the exact moment where we're gonna have to open this door and face this way because you can't look at the car. Oh yeah, and also if the meat right here starts groaning and moving, we have to turn off the switch. But for now, we can go ahead and turn it on. Don't you be moaning on me, buddy. But if you're still confused, don't worry. I'll explain more as time goes on. I don't even really fully remember. We're just gonna open the gate here and we already got a customer. So if she's a human, we can serve her shawarma, but first we gotta make sure she's not an anomaly. Usually you can just tell by the way they look, but sometimes it's a little more hidden. 1 second, ma'am. I'm just gonna go ahead and check the cameras to make sure you're not actually an anomaly, okay? She looks good to me. Anyone behind? Nobody's behind. Very interesting, but here's the most crucial part, guys. We gotta check the night vision just to make sure. And she's good. Nothing changed. All right. Well, I guess in that case, I'm going to go ahead and make you a shawarma. Oh, here we go. I kind of forgot how to do this, guys. But we put the lavash down like that. Then we take sauce, put it on here. Cheese, put it on top of the sauce. And then salad. Yes, of course. Oh, and I almost forgot. We need the meat. But there's no meat in there. So I have to get it off the skewer. Don't pulse and moan on me. Oh, yeah. I forgot how long this takes. Luckily, I don't think we have to refill it that much. But there we go. Now we got some meat in the tub. Let's put it on there. And finally, we just got to roll it up. Shawarma sounds so good. Bro, if y'all have never had it, trust me, just have it once in your life. All right, there you go, lady. Now get out of here. And off she goes. So I forgot to mention this earlier, guys, but if a faceless man comes to order, we must serve him without looking at him. I don't know how you can make eye contact with a faceless man, but I just gotta make sure not to serve him. Who's this guy? Okay. This guy wants a shawarma and a coffee. Let me go make sure he's normal. Who just knocked? I don't know. You're not an anomaly, are you? Just gonna make sure. Good, okay. Sorry. You just look a little old, but I mean, you look pretty human to me. That's right, guys. I'm getting all up in their face just to make sure they're good, okay? All right, let's make the shawarma. Cheese, salad, meat, roll it up, and he said he wanted a coffee, right? Okay. Make coffee. I've actually never done this part in my life. Coffee's taking a while, isn't it? Sorry, dude. All right, I think we made his coffee. It's right there, so there you go, sir. Hope you weren't an anomaly, or else someone's gonna start coming out of the ground, right? There he goes, walking off with his shawarma. I put a booger in that. I'm kidding, that's disgusting. And I think we're good. If we make any mistakes, the man out of the ground is gonna touch my butt. So bring in the next customer. They just drove off. Hello? No one's coming to order? Am I confused? Hello? Why is it? Oh, yeah, I think I'm gonna go back inside. Alrighty. You look normal to me. Just to fully make sure, I'm gonna check the cameras again. Okay, you just got a weird looking ponytail, buddy. What kind of haircut is that? Come on now. Alright, he's normal. I'm not gonna lie, I'm too busy making fun of the customers that I keep forgetting their orders. I don't know if he wanted a drink, but here you go, pal. Take your shawarma. Oh, I forgot something. I knew it. It was the drink. There you go. Take your, Brepsi. Alright, now go away. I got some other customers to serve. 6 to be exact. What are you staring at? We having a staring contest? Oh, right. I'm supposed to serve you. Okay, this guy looks normal as well. Let's just do one final check on him. Yep, looks normal to me. So we haven't gotten any anomalies yet. Yo, you think you can send me your barber's phone number? You got a clean looking lineup, my boy. Here you go. That was weird. Now, how many customers do we have left? Only 5. This is the quick version of the playthrough, but don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be finding all the anomalies of this game. I just wish these customers could walk faster. Hello there.
I want shawarma, please.
Y'all saw what I saw, right? Did you just put your fingers under your, I'm just gonna check on something real quick if that's okay. Yeah, you definitely are wearing a fake face. Your face is like pasted onto you. You are most definitely an anomaly. Why are you looking at me like that? Okay. Yeah. I am so sorry if you guys are watching this and you have trypophobia. She literally lifted up her chin. So we're gonna go ahead and press the button on you. Sorry, lady. You're nasty. Get out of here. Is she gone? Go away. Why is she still here? Okay, she's leaving. Yeah, don't ever come back. Nasty. Okay, so that's definitely one of the new anomalies.
One shawarma, please.
Oh. Hold on. Let me just, Yeah, yep, nope. You're definitely an anomaly. Although the only way we could be really sure is by checking you. Camera's got to say something about it, right? Maybe not. Maybe she just got a creepy looking face and she's a little ugly. Hey, sorry, I can't serve you. We're out of human flesh. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. No, thank you, bro. She's most definitely an anomaly. Come on. I wonder if I could get attacked by just closing the gate on somebody. She walked away. Thank you very much. Ahaha. All right, well, we're looking pretty good. We only got 5 clients left to serve. And so far, we have not run into the faceless man, the smiling man, or the car. All right, this guy right here wants a shawarma and a coffee. He seems normal, but his chest is kind of coming outwards. It's a little weird. Let me check the camera, and then I'll serve you, okay, buddy? Yep, you look good to me. Another paycheck. Thank you very much. Boom, boom, boom. We ran out of meat, so I need to grab a little bit more meat, which still takes so long. Boom. And then he said he wanted a drink. Oh, did he want a coffee? Yeah, he definitely did. All right. Well, there you go, buddy. Now get out of my office. Thank you. So far, since he hasn't come out of the ground even once, I've been actually doing a perfect run somehow. I haven't played this game in like 7 months. I don't even know how long it's been, honestly. Can I listen to some tunes while I'm doing this? This is Buns. This is Buns. Buns. Alright, yeah, we're not listening to music. Why do I still not have any customers? Since when was there rain in this game? Wait. What? It's never... Oh, heck no. Why is there a skeleton at my front door? No, you can't get a shawarma. Ew. I'm not even going outside to look at you. I mean, do I even need to check the cameras? I knew that there wasn't rain in this game. I'll check it anyways. All right. Well, she's not attacking me. I'm sorry. I gotta walk my fish. Please don't attack me. Oh, God. I'm gonna watch her. I forgot my skin. Y'all see that? Okay. Yeah, sure. Come back here when you got skin. Like that's gonna ever happen. Let's open this back up. Ahaha. I'm having a perfect run. No skeleton muscle lady is gonna end that for me. Oh! I forgot about him. Oh, black car, black car, black car. I remember what to do. I know exactly what to do. We don't look until the green light is off, right? Can I look back now? I still hear the car. Oh my God. I survived the inspector. I'm not gonna lie, I've probably lost to him like 2 or 3 different times back when I played this. I had no idea I was supposed to look away. I would keep going out there and looking back this way. Dude. Okay, I forgot about you, Johnson. You know what? That's gonna be your name. I'm gonna call you Johnson from now on. I remember him just being the most annoying, bald little kid. He just scares you just to scare you. He's not even here to take it. I mean, this person looks like a human. I can't really judge him, right? Just gonna check on you real quick. Okay. Yep, looks good to me. Alrighty. Let me get your shawarma. You know what? I kind of like the rain, guys. It don't bother me. It's honestly a chill night. Oh, I forgot something. My bad. You wanted a Brepsi. There you go. Enjoy. Wait, what'd she say? Did y'all see that? It said if I hear knocking tonight, don't open the door. I've been hearing plenty of knocking, lady. Wait a second. Am I seeing someone over there? Is someone... I see a figure walking towards me. Do y'all see that? You are That... Is that man coming to kill me? Buddy, you gotta be the slowest killer of all time. What is this? Quick, close the window. I gotta be quick. This dude's walking slower than my grandma. Buddy, I could just sit here for the next minute and you still won't get to me. You really think you're gonna kill me with that knife of yours? Buddy, I got a shawarma knife, all right? You are the slowest killer clown of all time, buddy. Hey, close. Hey, close. Close. No, no. I went into the camera. Close. It's not closing. I can't close the window. I can't close it. What you gonna do? Huh? You're not gonna do nothing? Weirdo. Ah! Am I dead? Oh, I'm alive. I told you couldn't win against me. Why was my window tweaking on me like that? I hate you. Oh my God, and he started coming out of the ground. What was I supposed to do? Genuinely. This dude said he can't feel his head. Buddy, you got no head. What? Where'd the rest of your head go? I can't serve you when you don't got a mouth to eat the shawarma with. So this doesn't count as the faceless man, right? The faceless man has like a hole in his face. This guy just got no head. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and that. I don't even know if that was painful for you, but maybe you not getting a shawarma is even more painful. He said, I only lost my head. Yeah, you can't still eat with that. Well, he's gone now. Man, I kind of feel bad. Buddy, maybe you shouldn't walk up to random kiosks without a head, okay? It's weird.
One shawarma, please, yeah, and make it quick.
Where are you looking? You're looking up, dude. Look at me. Look at me. I'm not serving you a shawarma until I fully sniff you out. Okay, I'm not gonna sniff you, actually. I'm just gonna look at you through the camera, all right? Where are you looking? Is that not weird to anybody else? Oh, you're looking at Johnson. Johnson, get down from there. Sorry about him. All right, fine. I'll make you your shawarma then. But I swear, if you're an anomaly and he comes out of the ground more, I think I'm gonna pee. All right, there you go, buddy. Goodbye. Okay, he has not risen. What are you doing there, Johnson? What? Johnson, cut it out, bro. You ain't scaring nobody. And now what is this lady doing? She's walking all jolly. Dancing in the rain, are we? I love that. Wow. Wait, she said my head hurts. I keep feeling pressure on one side. Let me just make sure she's okay. Left side seems normal. Right side seems normal. 1 second, just gonna do a quick x-ray of ya. Oh my God. Hey! Get your head out of my butt! What are you doing? Oh God. Oh. Did I not just see what I saw? I went in the camera and she oh, heck no. Get out my shop. No. You're weird. Is she gone? Is she gone? Please don't be in the backyard. That made me just feel itchy. I'm scared that she's still here. Oh no, she left. Thank goodness. Okay, 2 clients left, guys. Still no faceless man, still no smiling man. Oh! If a smiling customer comes in, give him a soda. Okay, guys, you see him? That's the smiling man. Just give him a soda. Give him a soda. And then it also says that the moving wet bundle he gives us must stay sealed and just put it under the counter. There you go, buddy. Yeah, thanks for the moving wet bundle. Open it. Put it on the counter. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to die tonight. We're putting it under the counter. All right. Why does he freak me out so much? All right. Doesn't look like he counted as a client, which means we still got 2.
Shawarma, no grill.
Okay. Buddy, you think you could just teleport to the front of my stand asking for shawarma? Let me check your x-ray. Nothing off except for the fact that he's bald. Yep, definitely not an anomaly, just bald. All right, fine, buddy. Making your shawarma. I'm out of meat again. There you go. Enjoy. I need to get some more meat inside of the container. All right. Wait, why are you still here? Did I forget his soda or something? Why are you still here? Oh, he wanted 2 shawarmas. All right, this dude's just a big bag then. I'm kidding. Don't be mad at me, bro. Here's your second shawarma. All right, we got 1 client left. Is he an anomaly or a human? I can tell from here. He's human. I got you. This dude kind of looks like the guy from Shrek. What's his name? Nah, I don't remember.
All right, here, know you, Cash.
Wait, what? You know me?
You're playing at night, Brave, huh?
How do you know that? How do you know I'm playing at night?
Your internet any moment, don't believe it. Watch.
No, you can't. You loot. Stop knocking. Oh. Okay. It was a fake leave message. I thought you actually disconnected my internet. That wasn't funny, buddy. I could turn you away just for that, but you're lucky I'm only 1 customer away. Here you go. Take your shawarma and leave me alone. Oh, I forgot the Brepsi. There you go, pal. Now, we win the game, right?
Hey, Inspector, you there?
What? Okay, maybe he's not the last customer. Oh, the meat is glowing. It's glowing and talking to me. Do I get out when that happens? Is someone rummaging around in the trash? What is going on? Do I need to turn off the light? Wait, what's going on? I don't think that's the meat that's doing that anymore. Oh, no. Oh no, I'm seeing floating people. I'm seeing a lot of floating people. Okay, I want to talk to the meat instead. What do I do? Turn the meat on? Who is that? Hello? What do I do in this situation? I wasn't trained for this. Buddy, I'm supposed to be working at a shawarma shop. I didn't come here to fight demons. Ugh. Oh god, I can't even use the cameras to help me. I have one client left, game. Come on. Go away, floating people. Thank you very much. Yep. Just like normal. Haha. Oh, okay, you got some dance moves. I love it. You're definitely an anomaly. I am not serving you, lady. You're weird. Wait, maybe she's not weird. Well, no, she definitely is weird, but maybe she's not an anomaly. You're definitely on something, are you? Do I care? She could be my last customer. You know what? I don't care. I'm giving her shawarma. And if the inspector wants to come out of the ground, then that's his problem. All right, there you go. You're welcome. All right, and now in the top left of my screen, it says, congratulations, your shift is over. You may go home. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light. We're going to turn off the grill, and we're going to leave. So guys, that's how the regular game goes. We managed to beat it, and it says every order was perfect. Every customer left satisfied. You take off your apron for the first time, the grill goes silent, and that's ending 1 out of 6. But like I said in the intro, there was a lot of new anomalies added to the game. So now, since we finished the full story, we're gonna go into a mode called Endless Mode. And basically, we could just use this to see all of the new anomalies without worrying about winning. I also didn't even realize there was a book right here that I missed that tells you how many anomalies you've gotten. So we've gotten 25 out of 51 anomalies. I remember this dancing woman from 5 minutes ago, and also this disgusting woman with her face. But look at what some of these anomalies say. This one says, yeah, that's not just a deer. Not human, not even from this universe. Long arms, reaches the window, won't let me close it. Okay, yeah, we definitely got to check out some of those anomalies. So let's do it. Are you an anomaly? I don't know. Oh, well, that was easy. Already got the first anomaly. There's 2 of you. Get out of my face.
Oh, you scared me. What do you want?
Oh my god.
That will be 150, please.
What the heck? Why'd you show up like that? Big dude. Wait. You're an anomaly. I saw you in the anomaly book, buddy. Turn my lights back on, pal. Ugh. Yeah, I don't like you, pal. I'm closing it on you, weird old anomaly. What you gonna do, huh? Gonna destroy the camera now? Dude, look at this guy.
Fine. You'll see what it means to ignore me.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? Hey! He's going behind me! You can't do that. You cannot... Don't you dare come in. Uh-oh. What? Are you leaving? Fix the trash bin and then the power outside. I don't want to do this. He's outside. I can't see. I'm fixing the trash bin. Oh my god, is he still there? I really have to fix the power box right now. Don't you dare come around the corner. Is he gone? Please. Come on. He's gone? Actually? Oh, dude gave me a heart attack. Man, it is quiet tonight, bro. Johnson, what do you think? This guy's got long arms. Wait a second. Long arms reaches the window, won't let me close it. Should I try closing it? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
No, you will cut. Do not try to close it.
Whoa, buddy. You can't tell me what to do. All right? You reach over and scratch my back. I got an itch. All right. No, I'm closing the gate on you.
You keep trying.
Hey. Hey. What you gonna do now?
I let you close it.
I let you close it.
To waste my time.
Yeah, that's right, buddy. Get out of here, long arms. Why do I hear breathing? I hear breathing. Y'all hearing breathing? Hello? Oh, heck no. Nope, 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 nope. Get out of here, Jason. You're gonna kill me, aren't you? Johnson? Can you help me? There's a man outside. Why is he just standing there? I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you.
Hello, what would you
Why are you breathing? So loud. Oh, he's not saying nothing. Oh, he just... No. Close it. Close it on him. Go away. Close the door and don't open it. Is he coming to the door? Why is he coming? No! Wait, what? I'm not opening that door. He's trying to come kill me? Oh, heck no. Listen, Bodhi, I just make shawarma. I'm kind of scared to open this. Really? Johnson, you are not funny. He's always trying to get a laugh out of me. Ew! What in the world is on your face? What? I know I'm not just seeing things. You see that too, right? Look, when I go in the cameras, you could see... What the Martin? Buddy, what is wrong with your face on the cams? I'm doing my casual 360 inspection. I'm not seeing nothing. Yeah, no thank you. Goodbye. All right, and now we have a drunk dude. Yeah.
I'm stopping. I'll pay next time.
Yo, do you guys hear his voice? Editor, you might have to turn that up a lot because that is so silent. This dude has different pitched voices. And he's like nodding. Dude, you got puke all over your shirt. I'm not serving you. Go away. Oh! What? Wait. I'm seeing your muscles through the camera. That's weird. No. Don't like it. That's just like the woman who showed up at our window, but this time you could only see it through the camera. Uh-oh, we got a large dude coming in. I don't know if that means he's an anomaly or not, or... Why is the moon bloody? Bloody moon? What is that? Did you cause the blood moon to rise? What does a blood moon even do? Buddy, I am not making you a shawarma right now. The moon is up and it's red. Does anything happen during the blood moon? I don't even know. You know what? Closing this. Sorry, pal. Oh, that's good. Johnson! Who are you? This guy's asking if I have anything red to drink. Is he a vampire?
We have soda. Well, I need something else. My dear son, attach this
Hey.
significant word.
Hey, cut it out. What? Oh, bats! Hey!
I'll take revenge on you.
You just attacked me with Okay. You know what? Enjoy my blood. So that vampire came in, took a bite out of my butt cheeks, and then just left? Yo, what? I guess that's what the blood moon means. Okay, this dude's got no pants on. Oh my god, stop. You're doing the robot? Why do you have a girl voice? Buddy, oh my god, buddy. Don't make me get on your head. If this ain't the goofiest dance I have ever seen someone at a shawarma stand do. Bro, this is embarrassing. What led you in life to get to this point, huh? All right. Yep, I'm not serving you. You still dancing out there, huh? Are you an animatronic? Is this Springtrap? Okay, they're just... I'm just now realizing the phone says I can call a delivery number. 555-145. What? Since when? Hello? Hello?
What would you like to order?
Ooh. I want a camera and a bell and a kebab.
I wanted to order camera, bell, kebab.
All right, we'll be on our way shortly. Thanks for
Wait,
calling.
I've never seen this before. That's awesome. Okay. Why are you so short? You need help? Are you a little kid or a grown man? I can't even tell.
Long day?
Always. People stare and know.
Aw, okay, I kind of feel bad.
When you look this good.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that my delivery? Oh, I got my delivery. Oh, thank you. All right, hold on, Mr. Manchild. I'm going to get my packages. I kind of want to see this. I better not see you guys call me short in the comments. I do not look like him. I can already guess that. Okay, you know what? Let's just take our packages. I got a kebab, a camera, and I kind of forgot. Oh, yeah, a bell. Ding. All right, I'm not serving you. Out of my way. I want to play with this camera. Whoa. That's kind of cool. So far, we've gotten 30 out of the 51 anomalies. Hello. Oh. Oh. He's got no face. He has no face. Look at him. If a faceless man comes to order, serve him, but never look directly at his face. Can I look through the camera, or is that a bad idea? What do you guys think? Should I take a look-see-poo at his face with the camera on? I'm just gonna test it. I'm kind of curious. Yeah. Ah! He crawled out the...
Aww. I thought the camera strategy would work, but I guess not. That was kind of cool, though. What do you think? All right. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Why are the lights flickering?
One shawarma, please.
Why is there somebody behind you?
Don't cut it in half, though.
Lady!
He only got one hand to hold it.
Lady, look behind you!
Fair enough.
See, problem solved. Food first, worries later.
Please.
Who is that? I know who you are. You're the guy that gets closer every time I close this. I know it. I know it, but I don't think I should say it. Oh, heck no. Buddy, you got a woman's face in your face. Man, you're so scary. You're so scary. You're so scary. Nah, I'm not scared of you. I want you out of here. All right, he's gone. Okay, so what did you want? Where are you going? I had to deal with an old man. Her loss. What in the heck am I looking at? What? How you do that? You jumped straight up.
How can I get one shawarma?
Hold on a second. Ain't no way we got Flash Stanley over here ordering shawarma. How is that even possible? This dude is 2D. You built like Mario. Why do you look like a basketball player? Yeah, no. Yeah, this dude's flat. Nuh-uh. Go away. Oh, look. There's meteors falling from the sky. Oh, God, the meat. Hold on. Guys, look at the sky. It's beautiful. There's a meteor shower going on right now. This is awesome. All right, can I go back in? I can still hear the meat. Why are you still doing all that? The grill switch is off, buddy. Sorry, buddy. The shawarma was getting excited. What did you want? Actually, on second thought, I don't care. What in the heck are you? Buddy, you are so tall. Why do you look like that? You're glowing. Why are you glowing? Make one with extra garlic. Okay, this dude's a vampire. Yeah, nice one, pal. What you gonna do? Kill me? You gonna suck my blood if I don't serve you? Yeah, no. I don't think he does anything, guys. I'm closing in on him. Goodbye. Oh, hello there. You want me to make you a shawarma? I could definitely make you a... So you got a twin sister in the back? You didn't want to tell me about her? Why is she going crazy back there? Yeah, no, I'm not serving you. Goodbye. Bunch of weirdos out here. Come on. I only serve the humans. Okay. We got an old man now. Okay, you're not even speaking plain English, buddy. I am not serving you. You can't be out here this late at night, dude. What if I just go outside while this dead body thing is happening? Dead bodies? Dead bodies? Oh! Johnson, was that you? Help me. I'm going crazy in here. You hear that ringing sound? What do you mean it's taking too long? I'm not taking too long. Okay, I'm sorry. Can I even survive this? Oh, I'm alive. Oh. Okay, really? Some dude just came by and farted. You're still dancing here. Why? What is going on? I already know you're not an anomaly. Buddy, that fart was an anomaly. He left a green cloud. I've never seen that with an actual fart. He's got to have set a world record for that one. All right, I'm not serving you. Get out of here. Hello? Oh! Why are you crying on me? Don't cry, you're gonna make me cry. This is nasty. What are you doing? You seeing this? Do you not care? You just want your shawarma? There's a face in the ceiling. I don't want to talk. No, he's crying on me. He's getting me all wet. All right, thank you. Man, this game just gets weirder and weirder, bro. Doesn't it, Johnson? Not you again. Don't do it. Okay. Oh, buddy. Buddy, I saw your legs. This dude's trying to act like a police officer. Ain't no way he's wearing a skirt. Okay. What kind of outfit is this, huh? You see, I don't even know if people like this are anomalies or not. He could just be a weird dude who likes wearing skirts. Top of his head kind of looks weird, too. I want to try something. What if I close this and then I go out there to watch them? Hello? I closed the door on you, but I'm right here, buddy. Oh, nah. Where you going? Into the darkness? All right. What in the... Y'all see the way... Y'all see the way she walked up to me? Oh, no, it's the girl scratching her face again. Yeah, nope. All right, guys, we managed to find 35 out of the 51 anomalies. I've been playing this game for about 2 hours, and it takes a while to actually get all the anomalies. So if you want to see me do a part 2 of this video where I find the rest of the 50, drop a like, subscribe, do whatever you want. This game is too much fun. But either way, I hope you all have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. I haven't seen my grandma in a while, so I'm gonna go visit her house. But things aren't really gonna go the way we expect. It's a little creepy in her neighborhood. There's a bunch of boarded up houses and stuff, but it's fine, right? Grandma, I don't know why you still live in this place. Am I even sure that I'm visiting my grandma? Did I check the address correctly? Okay, well, we're here.
The house is just as I remember it from my childhood. Nothing has changed.
Yeah, she's had this house for as long as I'd lived. I'll be honest, I actually don't know anything about grandma. I've never played this before or watched it. Oh my god. Okay, yo, is she watching TV in there? Grandma? Is that you? Oh, it is. Okay, that's gotta be grandma. Let me in there. Whoa, grandma, your house is really creepy.
They were so young and so happy. Grandma was so charming in her youth. She could light up a room with just a smile. I miss you, Grandpa.
Aw, that's kind of sad. He misses his grandpa. Okay, can I literally click on all of these? Bro, there's literally a voice line for every one of these.
I'll never forget the first time I saw the Eiffel Tower glowing at night.
All right, that's enough yapping.
I should find Grandma first.
I should find grandma first. Okay, I can hear music in here. Grandma, can you turn the TV off so I could speak with you? I'm just gonna, okay, no.
Christopher, I'm so glad to see you.
That does not sound like a grandma.
I'm glad to see you too. How was your life? How are you feeling?
To be honest, getting older is starting to show, but it's okay. I'm managing.
Aww.
You haven't been answering the phone lately. I was very worried, so I came over.
I've missed you so much, but a lot has changed since our grandfather passed away.
We miss him so much.
Let me make us some tea.
Wait, let me make the tea myself.
Oh, thank you so much, sweetie.
Don't worry, grandma. I got you. I'll make you some tea. You don't have grandpa around to help you anymore, so I gotta take that role. Oh, that's not the kitchen. That's not the kitchen. Oops. Sorry, grandma. I'm kind of just going through all your doors here. All right, tea. That's right, the teapot.
There's no water in the kettle.
No water?
No
Okay,
water
well, let's go put some water.
That's strange.
Wait, what?
There's no water.
There's no water dripping?
As far as I remember, there was a well behind the house. I hope the water is still clean.
Okay, I gotta go collect the water from the well. What should I take with me? A cup? I guess I'm just gonna grab the water with my bare hands. Don't worry, grandma. I'm gonna make you that tea. I promise. I just gotta go get water from the well outside so I can actually heat up the water. All right, behind the house.
It's too dark. I need to find the flashlight. It should be somewhere in the kitchen.
Okay, yeah. You know what? True. Let me get a flashlight first so I can actually see out there. Grandma, you'll have your tea in just a second. Don't worry. Flashlight in the kitchen? Yo, is he tripping? Where's the flashlight at? Gotta be in one of these cabinets, right? Flashlight. Hello? Nope. Yo, grandma, where's the flashlight? Oh, it's gotta be down here. Oh, most definitely. Bruh. I'm searching through every single cabinet. Oh, there we go. Flashlight. Okay, perfect. Now if I press F, we got our light source. Now let me just go get that water. Over at the well behind the house. Did I go the wrong way? Oh, I could have just used the back door. I'm kind of dumb. Sorry, guys. Okay, fishing boats. Okay. I don't know how to get the water from the well, though. Why am I hearing water sounds all around me? Oh, am I stepping in water right now? I'm not gonna lie, I can barely see. This flashlight's kind of bunt. Where is the well again? Did I lose my sense of direction already? Ah, the well. Yes, that's what I was looking for. All right. Ew, that water's muddy. Should I just grab from there? Eesh. I'm giving my grandma... Oh my gosh. Yo, my grandma just scared me. She's like staring through the window and stuff. Hey, grandma, I got your water. Let me just go make you some tea, all right? If I boil it, all that bacteria and stuff will get out. Okay, why am I hearing creaking now? The house just got like 10 times creepier.
The gas stove is dirty.
Yeah, thanks. I know the gas stove is dirty. All right, let's close all this. And now we put that in there. Ah, perfect. Yes. Okay, now that we wait for that to boil, we can close the rest of this place. Because I kind of made a mess in here, but that's my fault. Let me turn off my flashlight. Oh, that's much better. Ah, who are you? Who is that? Somebody's outside the door. Yo, close the door, close the door, close the door. Ah, somebody's outside. Oh my god. Okay, tea kettle. I really don't like the whistling sound.
I need a tea bag.
Aw, I just closed all of it. I gotta look for a tea bag.
I prefer healthy food.
Okay, cool. I just clicked the potato chips. This guy is a yapper. Jeez. Tea bags. Got it. Okay, perfect. Now we put it in the cup. Aha, perfect. All right, grandma, I got your tea. I swear, if I get jump scared and I drop this tea, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Grandma, where you at? Ah, there you are. Here you go.
Grandma, I made the tea. Grandma?
You like it? You love it.
Hello?
You okay, Grandma? Grandma?
That fast. It smells delicious.
How do you feel?
It's been very difficult lately. I can hardly do anything. My legs hurt so much that sometimes I can't even stand. So I sit all day and look through our old photographs.
By the way, I brought my camera with me, so maybe we can add few new photographs to your album.
That's a great idea.
Okay, well, I guess I'll go get you some photographs from your car. So why is my grandma just kind of acting like that? Did she get possessed or did something happen? Okay, I need to get the camera from here. Give me the backpack.
I don't need a backpack. backpack.
What do you mean you don't need a backpack? All right, fine. Where's the camera then? Brother, is the camera in the trunk?
The trunk must be locked. I need to open it first from the driver's seat.
Ah, okay. Open it from the driver's seat. Okay, how do I open the trunk? There we go. Perfect. All right, now we open it. Where is my camera? There's the camera. Perfect. Oh, I'm hearing stepping. Grandma, you live in a really creepy neighborhood, by the way. I'm hearing people walking around, and not to mention, there was someone knocking on the kitchen window. I don't know who that was. All right, I got your camera. Take a photo of Grandma. What you mean, take a photo of Grandma? Ah, there we go. Okay, I pressed that. Take a photo. All right, I need to shake it. Shake photo. Yo, who is knocking at the entrance door? I'm trying to take a photo of Grandma. Grandma, where are you in the photo? Oh my gosh, my grandma is a ghost. My grandma is not there. Now, who's at my door? Yo, I saw a shadow. Hello? Hello? Is somebody there? I don't like the sound changes. What happened? Check around the house and find the noise source. I gotta go find the noise. Okay, where did the noise come from? Is it in the fridge? Hello? Okay, no one in the fridge. Thank goodness. Is it in the garage? Oh god. There's not a key. I need a key. I hear a typewriter. Yo, what just happened in here? I heard the typewriter go off.
The globe was always a bit wobbly.
Oh my goodness. Grandma, I know you're probably a demon ghost right now, but there's somebody outside of your house. Freeze my image and the truth will appear. I already took a photo of you, Grandma. Well, I did that. Boom. Okay, I took a photo and Grandma's there. How is Grandma there now? Wait a second. What? That makes no sense. Grandma missing. She's in the photo. Should I take another one? Grammy, say cheese. Oh, she's not there. Grandma, you're not in the photo. I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Wait, what? Dig at the tree.
I've seen this tree somewhere.
You are here. Oh. Okay, so we gotta dig at the tree that's next to the house. Do I have a shovel to dig with though? Grams, I don't know if you got like a little tool I could use. Maybe it's in your kitchen. I'm gonna just grab a shovel if that's cool. No shovel there. Do we perhaps have a trowel or something? Or do I just go dig with my bare hands? All right, I'm gonna go dig with my bare hands, I guess. It's next to the tree, so let's go out there. Anyone out here? I don't like the sounds that I'm hearing, but okay. This is the house. This is the tree, right? Or is it that tree? I think it's gotta be this tree. Let me see. You ginormous Mr. Tree. I don't know if you're the right one I'm supposed to dig at. I don't even have a shovel to dig with. It's gotta be this one right here, right? Do I click somewhere? Let me go back and check that photograph. I need to check one more time if that's okay, Grandma. Okay. Can I take this with me or something? Dig, and I'm here. Oh, it's across the street, isn't it? Oh my god. I'm supposed to go to the house across the street. I also hear walking. Aha! It's that one right there. Okay, sorry guys, I'm dumb. I should have paid a little more attention. Okay, so this is where we dig.
I need a shovel. I should ask the neighbors.
I knew I needed a shovel. Is that not what I just said? I was trying to look in the kitchen, but if my neighbors have one. Hello? Hey. Okay, no one's answering that door. Let's just go to this house then. Hello? Knock, knock. Oh, hello. Is anyone in there? Why is there a scary looking bear in there? I feel like that doesn't make any sense. So is this house haunted or something? Maybe I just go to those ones over there. Those are probably the nicer neighbors anyways. Hello? I'm just looking for a little skibbity shovel if that's okay. May I knock on your door, please? Hello? Is anyone home? Who's there?
This is your neighbor. It might sound a bit strange, but my cat passed away and I need to bury her. Do you happen to have a shovel?
It's to the right, behind the house. Just take it and don't show up here again, all right?
All right, fine. I won't show up here again. I just need your shovel. Thank you. Aha. Perfect. What is going on in there? Y'all hearing those sounds? You know what? I'm just not even going to question it. I'm going to go use my shovel and dig this up, please. Alrighty. Time to start digging. What's under here? Am I going to uncover the truth? Yo, what is that? Lighter?
I need to dig deeper.
All right, let's dig deeper. We got a lighter and now we got a gun. Oh, I like it. Yeah, give me that. Boom. Familiar revolver.
It's the one.
Oh, what just happened? Are you kidding me? I was reading in the top right. I couldn't even see. What did I get jump scared by? So I can't pick up the revolver. Really? Oh my god. What is that? Return home? Okay. I'm going home. Oh my god, he's chasing me. He's chasing me. Yo. Let me in. Who are you? Oh my god. Am I alive? I'm alive, right? There's a crazy man living in here. Am I safe? Grandma, are you okay? Oh my god. No. What do you mean? What's going on? Hey. Do I need a key or something? Oh no. Oh, I cannot see. Why is it getting so dark in here? What do I do? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Open up, please. What? The lights are off. Yo, flashlight battery is dead.
I need to activate the emergency generator. It should be in the locked storage room, and the keys are likely hidden among the books.
I can't see. My flashlight battery is dead. Did I cook myself? Maybe I can use my lighter. My lighter. Okay, I think it said I need to find the generator downstairs. Oh man. Oh no. I don't like this.
There's nothing for me.
There's nothing over here. Okay. Grandma, are you still alive? What is on the TV? Grandma, what are you watching and where are you? Yo, I don't want to see that anymore. No, thank you.
This is Head and Borders, my favorite shampoo.
Dude, they just have a voice line for everything in this game. I don't need to know that Head and Shoulders was your... What I just hear? I heard something. Hello? Did y'all hear that too or am I tripping? Wait, the TV's normal now? Since when?
I'll never forget the time I played that special cassette my parents...
Oh! What just happened? I was just looking around. Jeez. Hey, it hit out my lighter. Are you serious right now, you dumb cabinet? Oh, wait a second. The key. Key for the storage room. Okay. We can go get that storage room unlocked then. Yes. Oh, yeah. Boom. There we go. But I still cannot see.
Okay, this is the generator. Now, where do I put you? Place the generator near the electrical panel at the back of the house. I gotta place you near the electrical panel. Oh, right here. Ah, perfect. Now I turn you on.
There's no fuel. I saw gasoline in the storage room.
Find fuel in the storage room. Why is that chair upside down? I don't know. Just looking for fuel in here. Hello? Fuel? Aha!
There's almost no gasoline here. I should search near the boat by the lake.
That's where I went at first. Okay, near the boat by the lake. I can barely see anything. Aha! Thank you very much. Refuel the generator. There we go. Now can I see? Come on, please. Please start. Yes! Okay, now that we got the lights back on, we gotta go look for Grandma. I don't know where she went. Grandma, are you around here somewhere? Oh, where did you come from? Grandma, are you okay?
Christopher, where have you been for so long? You look tired. Maybe you should rest.
It was a long and tiring drive. I'm going to lie down for a bit.
All right, well, I guess I'm going to bed. Are we just considering this normal?
I should have a little something to eat before sleeping.
Oh, dude, now you're hungry? Bro, this guy just loves yapping about stuff. All right, fine. We'll make some pasta, I guess. Who eats pasta right before bed? If it was me, I'd take like maybe a nice glass of tea, some toast or something. Ah, pasta, chicken fettuccine, right? Is it not that pasta? All right, fine. Where do I make the pasta from, gang? I don't know where you want me to look. I literally saw fettuccine Alfredo. Is it any of these? Hello? The pasta's literally right there.
The dishes are so clean that they could audition for a soap opera.
Yeah, thanks for the voice line, dude. I'm trying to get you this pasta made.
Why did the knife get promoted? Because it always knew how to cut to the chase.
Dude, can we not with the voice lines right now? Maybe the pasta's in the freezer. No, pasta. Ah, it was leftover pasta. Okay, well that makes a lot more sense. Now how do I put you in there? Ah, there we go. Man, that kind of looks good. I'm not gonna lie. I would totally go for some pasta right now. All right, start cooking. Just waiting here for my pasta. Let's hope nobody crawls through that window. I wish I could close that. Okay, ding, fries are done. Give me the pasta. I am so hungry. Oh, there we go. Yes. I am gonna devour this.
I'm feeling a bit dizzy. I think I'll head out to the porch to get some fresh air and enjoy the pasta.
Bro, you do not need to be doing that right now after that man just chased us down. Why? What am I hearing? Oh, okay, that was just the lights turning on. That was terrifying me. Time to sit down and enjoy this thing then. Okay, why is it making that sound whenever I eat it? Oh, I didn't like that. I just ate all the pasta.
I should turn off the generator.
Yeah, true. Now that the power's back on, I guess we don't need it anymore, so... yeah, it's off. Am I gonna die? Oh, now I gotta find Grandma again? I'm just trying to go to bed in here. Grandma, why do you keep going away? Where are you? Grandma, you okay?
You know, Chris, when I was young, your grandfather always knew how to surprise me. He was a man who understood how to be strong and caring. I remember once he brought me to this house. It was so peaceful here.
Yo, Grandma, I hate to cut you off right now, but there was a footstep. I'm pretty sure I heard someone outside. Oh my God.
It feels like he's still nearby, watching over me. There are days when I hear his voice when I close my eyes, as if he's still here, just lost in time.
I heard another footstep. I heard it again.
Love always finds its way to house.
All right, thanks, Grandma. For the monologue, what's going on with your TV?
The picture is lost again.
It's probably the antenna. I'll take a look.
I just want to go to bed. Please. I gotta go fix the antenna on the roof? That's crazy talk. Okay, how do I get to the roof? Got a ladder, Grammy? I really hope you do, because I'm not climbing up there from the second floor. Aha, ladder. Get me up there. Oh, yeah. Hello? Anybody up here? Okay, the antenna should be right here. I could barely even see it. There we go. I just gotta turn it. How much am I supposed to turn it? Maybe until I hear the TV. Okay, keep turning. Keep turning. Ah, looks like it's working. Okay, perfect. That means I could jump down. Okay, Skibbity. I can't see a single thing right now. I'm not gonna lie. Am I gonna die of fall damage? Oh, no, I'm good. I don't know where my ladder went. It was kind of gone, but we're chilling. Was this always on the floor? Maybe.
I need to get to bed, but I think I should barricade the doors with something. The night was very unsettling.
Use chairs to barricade the front and back doors. Okay, so chairs from the dining room, I assume. All right, front door. Boom. What? Hey, who's that creeping through the window? Before you come outside, I got the info. All right, there we go.
This seems secure enough. I'll use the bathroom and brush my teeth before sleeping.
All right, true that. Let's use the bathroom and brush our teeth. Uh-huh. So this is what the toothbrush was for. Perfect. Why am I just seeing a cloudy mirror? Okay, I guess that means I brushed my teeth. Perfect. Now can I go to bed? Grandma, you okay in there? It looks like she's fine. I'm going to sleep. Wait. Let me go to sleep, Grandma. You gonna ask me to do something else for you, huh? Can I turn off your TV? You just gonna sit there watching a blank TV? All right, you have fun in there. I already used the bathroom. Oh, I need to go poopy. That makes sense. All right. Yeah. Poopy time and pee time. Oh, y'all heard that? Oh, okay, bruh. Why are we doing? Okay. Wow. Thanks a lot for that game. That was disgusting. So now I can go to bed. I don't think I washed my hands. Ew. Oh, this guy snores like Nico. Yo, what noise source? Grams, where you at? Grandma, I heard something outside. What is this? This was never here. Where did the noise come from? Oh, front door. Whoa. Investigate the gunshots that came from inside the house. They were inside? What do you mean they were inside? I was just outside. I thought I was outside. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, no. Glenda and I? Huh. Well, me and Glenda. Cool. What about you? Find a way to play the vinyl? Yeah, I saw that earlier. That was in here. Boom. Okay. I hear stepping. Yo, I'm I'm frozen. I cannot move. I cannot move my mouse. I'm trying to move my mouse right now. Somebody's behind me. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's behind me. Ah! Who just shot me? Was that a nightmare? These horror games always be having nightmares. Okay, well, does that mean that there's no danger going on? What? You don't look like Grandma. Glenda.
Chris, do you remember how we used to spend time in this house? You always knew how to make me smile. I laughed every time you'd come up behind me with that mischievous look, like you had a secret to tell, but always kept quiet. But that day, something was different. You looked at me in a way you never had before.
Oh, the cops are showing up.
Time seemed to stop for a moment, and everything became so quiet.
Why are you yapping so much to me? I need to go figure out what happened to my grandma. Like, seriously.
It's too late, isn't it?
It's too late to apologize. Oh, sorry. Now I'm the one yapping. Hey, what's going on? Glenda, are you okay? Why did I just pass out? I thought we was talking. We was getting to know each other and everything. Glenda, oh. Attic stuff? What? Who was in my attic? Where's Glenda? Where's my grandma? Where's everyone? Where am I? Hello? What? Glenda.
Christopher, we're just shadows here now. Echoes trapped me in these walls. Leave before you fade with me.
Find the torch and leave the house. Oh, what? Where's the torch at? Where's the torch? Yo, is it in the store? Oh, that's it. Right there. Okay, now leave the house. Who is that? Glenda, why you leaving me? Don't you leave me. You can't go into the swamp by yourself. Glenda, no. Glenda, I don't like this. Thank goodness there's a light source here. Okay, I don't really like how it's dark, but I'm glad that the pathway is lighting up for me. Oh, this way. I hear those whispers. I'm not ignoring them. I'm just choosing not to listen. Okay? Oh, God. Oh, my God. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, the whispers are getting louder. Oh, no. Yo, what's going on?
No. I can't do this. I need to get out of here.
What am I looking at? What is that? Return home? Why am I hearing a beeping? Is that supposed to be some sort of... Oh, no. It's all swampy in here. Am I hallucinating? Is that what's going on? Okay, finally. Oh, no. What's going on? I don't want to look at that car. That car is probably going to do something scary, isn't it? Yo, a dude's just parking there? That ain't your house. That's my grandma's house. Now I'm just hearing music. Why is there a quote at the bottom of the screen? What happened? Thank you for playing? So I just wandered into my grandma's house, but my grandma's been just dead the whole time. That's why I couldn't see her in the photo. And also my wife was dead. And I just came back to the house, even though that guy was hallucinating. Wait, so when I got shot, did I actually get shot? Was it like the house owner and because he thought I was an intruder or something? I don't know. Well, we didn't visit grandma. We visited her house and she's dead. But if you want to watch another video, then click one on your screen here. And also please subscribe so we can hit 1 million subscribers. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today, we're back on Gartic Phone and we all competed to draw against each other to see who was the best at drawing. Although I think it turned less into a competition and more into just a weird battle. You'll just have to see. We're back on Gartic Phone, and first we're starting off with the sentence game mode.
Okay.
Wow, the sentence game mode. What is this one?
Let me explain it. You write a sentence, Shady. It's got to be funny. I'm going to do something like that. Okay, boom. And now somebody else is going to have to draw that. And you have to put multiple sentences in? No, you only do one. We're chilling.
Oh, I think I cooked on my sentence.
I cooked on mine.
Okay, I don't know why he's talking like that. And now we have to... Yo, what? I feel like I know who wrote this one. This has got to be Shady's, bruh. Hey, yo, what in the world am I... Okay.
What might it say?
I'm not telling you what it's going to say. I'm just going to have to draw this. Oh my gosh.
Wait, friend, what might it say?
Dude, stop talking like that. Stop it.
Okay, I will do as you please.
Bro, you literally sound like an NPC right now. You literally sound like I'm playing Fortnite and I run into a henchman and he's like,
You literally sound like you need to get some mouth tape and start mewing.
Dude, mouth tape doesn't work. That stuff is a scam, bro.
Well, ask the looks maxers that I talk to all the time. They'll tell you.
Yeah, you don't talk to any looks maxers.
They'll tell you, buddy.
All right, cap. What he capping? I'm trying to draw something really nice here and not make this weird, but I think it's just going to be weird either way, unfortunately, because I know Shady gave me this prompt, but it's okay.
My drawing's a little scuffed, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm trying my best here. I think that's all that matters. Realistically, let's fill this in with black. There we go. I like that. We'll do this, I guess. Yo, bro, how am I supposed to draw this? Ew. Okay, hold on. We'll add like some handles. Boom.
Yo, can we get a little hurry?
Me?
Yeah, can we hurry up, bro?
Dude, I'm going as fast as I can.
I've been queued on my drawing now forever.
Okay, bro. I don't know how y'all finished so... Wait. I literally have no time. Oh my goodness.
Minor, what do you think about this nonsense?
Bro, I have no time. Oh, I'm not even like close to being done.
Yo, kid, what do you think about this nonsense?
Yo, this guy's buns.
Dude, you're distracting me. Stop.
Ring.
Oh no.
Okay, mine is so bad, bro.
Mine is so buns. Literally and figuratively. You'll see what I mean in a second. Oh no. No. I'm not done. No. Oh god, no.
Hey.
What is this?
Okay, wait. I have to describe this scene.
What is that?
Oh, is this me or Mia? This has got to be Mia. I'm gonna say that it's that, I think. Bro, I didn't finish my drawing. I might have cooked my round. I'm sorry, guys. Whoever has to describe my scene.
I think I cooked.
Yeah, I think I got this one. I'm not really sure. Okay, now I gotta draw this. Oh, wait. Okay, this is way easier. I so got this.
Who wrote this?
It's probably Shady. If it's something really sus, it's a high chance that it's Shady.
Why is it always me?
You're the only one that would put weird stuff like that.
Y'all are acting like y'all aren't weird either, okay?
I'm not weird. I'm Sigma. What is that noise supposed to mean?
And me over there laughing like she ain't the weirdest one.
Bro, I'm so normal, it's crazy. Stop it!
Okay, wait. I'm actually low-key, high-key, mid-key cooking right now. Let me draw the tail on this thing. Boom. And then we gotta do some big legs. Big Libra. There's one.
I know what you're drawing.
Oh, you know what I'm drawing?
Yeah, I bet VMT wrote that one.
Yeah, you definitely wrote this, didn't you?
I didn't write it, but I think I drew it. And you're redrawing.
I definitely am redrawing. Okay, so that means the prompt probably stayed close to what it is then. Okay, let's draw these. Oh, man. Oh, these are some buns-looking hands. What am I doing? Ew. Yo, okay. It's fine as long as they get the gist. They just need to get the gist of this entire thing.
Sure.
Oh, gosh. Oh, I thought I was doing so good until I finished this. Ew, bruh. What am I doing? Let me fix this. Hold on. Gotta just make the opacity lower. There we go. Fill that in very slowly like that. And then I'll go in with this. Oh, what did I just do? No. I gotta make sure not to run out of time. So, let me just actually draw the main part of this drawing like that. And then we'll do this and this. And we'll do like a little, yeah, yeehaw. And I gotta do the skin tone on here. There we go. Fill that in with like a lighter color. And then I gotta do the face. Oh my goodness. Why am I running out of time so much?
Okay, I think I did good.
I think this is like doable. This is fine. I don't know if they'll get that though. Oh, wait a second. This is definitely doing that. Okay, I think that's good. I'm not really sure what else this could be, to be honest. I'm trying to think of like other prompts that you guys would put for this.
I don't know if I want to describe this.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, yeah, you probably got the sus thing that I got.
No, yeah, you do. You want to describe it with all your heart.
Okay, I feel like Mia wrote this. Mia seemed very unsure on her prompt here.
My prompt was goated, bro. You'd be lucky to draw it.
Okay, how in the world am I gonna explain this? I gotta get the next person to actually put these two words into it. Okay, guess I'll grab red. We'll draw like something like this, and then fill all that in with the red here. I think this will make sense once I'm done with it. Now that I know I just need to draw faster, I'm just gonna rush these a little more. Boom, there's that, and then we're gonna do something like this, I think. And then I'm gonna fill that in with like a gray color. Boom, and then on top of it, we'll add like a little label. It'll go across, and then we're gonna write that. We'll put some arrows pointing to these, and then what else? I guess we could do something like this.
Bucket.
What?
I use bucket.
Bucket tool?
Bucket tool.
Let me fill this in with orange. How are these supposed to look? Wait, what? Maybe I can add to it.
Bucket.
Okay, I need to search up like an image of this thing that I'm trying to draw.
Cheater.
That's not cheating. I'm just trying to get like a reference.
No, yeah, no, I got you.
It's not cheating. Guys, is that cheating?
My drawing looks so good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mine's good, and it's done.
Okay, this is honestly the best I could do. I'm not really sure how to get somebody to draw that.
All right, well, let's see how this went, shall we?
All right, so first is mine. I wrote Shady eating a worm, okay?
Oh, that's what that was.
Oh, and Shady got it first. So he drew Shady eating a worm. Yup. Why you naked?
I'm naked.
What the heck, bro?
Okay, and then Mr. Peanut said, Shady eating a gross worm. Yes.
Oh, I didn't know what it was.
And then the miner drew that. You know, that's actually a good drawing. I like that. He shoveled it out of the ground.
Oh.
So then Mia put, Shady digging a hole.
What?
Oh, yeah. This is W drawing.
I guess that makes sense. So then VMT drew, yeah, Shady digging a hole. Yo, VMT, your drawing skills, I don't know about them, bruh.
Oopsie.
I don't be drawing, bro.
It's kind of hard when you have to use a mouse. Thank goodness Zoe's not here right now. I don't know if we got points for that, but Mr. Peanut said Elmo riding a T-Rex. Okay.
No way.
I got this so wrong.
So then VMT drew this. It is definitely Elmo riding a T-Rex. That is what it looks like. Although that looks like a Bronchiosaurus. I won't say. T-Rex got small arms.
All right.
Sorry, I'm bubbling.
Cash riding a dinosaur. So this is what I got, and I drew this. Oh.
Dang.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, see, it's me riding a dinosaur. And yeah, Cash riding a dinosaur, see? See? See, that proves that I'm good at drawing. And the miner drew me riding a dinosaur.
Wow.
Oh, yes, sir.
Very beautiful.
Let's see, Mia put, I farted in a bottle and cried? What?
I thought thought it was funny.
Minor, what is this?
I'm so confused.
Okay, well, Shady put man crying and taking a leaky green poop on a wall.
Ew.
Ugh.
Okay, I already know what this drawing is.
Peanut drew
This is the one I didn't know if I wanted to describe.
explosive something. Oh, that's what I got.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I took this the complete wrong way. I saw explosive something, so I drew explosives. Bro, I was so off. Wow.
I think we lost that one.
Yeah.
To be fair, I didn't give you the best description there.
I don't think Mia gave the best description. What was that starting prompt?
Hey, I drew a sentence.
Okay, Shady put... Yeah, I knew this was Shady. Taking Cash's little buns and frying them?
What? Acting like that ain't a normal sentence. That's not the first time that has been uttered. Bro, what is that?
Okay, this is a valid guess, though. This is a valid guess.
Yeah, I was trying to put, you know, like my little buns. So VMT said, Cash cooking meatballs. Honestly, yeah, that is true.
Okay, but why is Cash's, like, stomach hanging out? Like, what is that? Is that your butt?
It's supposed to be my butt. I didn't finish my drawing. Okay, really, Mia?
I thought you were cooking meatballs.
Why do you use the dark red for me, though?
Because I like the dark red.
See, even the minor thought it was Mia.
I tried to make it not look like poop. See the spaghetti?
Mia cooking poop burgers and Mr. Peanut put this. Yo, look how sad she is.
Bro, it's not me.
Have we stuck to a single script yet? I don't know if we have.
We failed everyone.
Let's see what VMT put. Shady cooking a burger. Okay, wait. This one might actually cook. Literally. See?
I try to keep it simple.
No, it's not, because whoever wrote this wrote it wrong.
Shady cooking a burger right there. And then Shady is cooking burgers.
Burgers. So I guess it counts if burgers was spelled right.
Yeah, true. And then he did draw burgers. This is what I saw. So then I put Shady making a hamburger.
Nah, it's wrong. We lost.
That's not wrong. It's not wrong. And then Mia. Oh, he's not cooking anymore.
Stop! I did good on that.
I think this one definitely we stuck to the script the most.
That's our closest one.
That's the closest one for sure. What about the minor? Cash likes to sniff things.
Wow.
Yo, sniff what?
He likes to sniff butts.
Mia, what is this?
Stop! That's you!
Why do I look like a girl?
It's the hoodie. That's not me!
I put Mia holding poop.
Oh.
Yeah, see, that's the orange you're supposed to use.
It's supposed to be you.
Oh, nah. Mia about to eat poop.
Mia about to eat poop.
Ew. Oh.
Stop!
That looked like the poop emoji, bro. It turned from Cash likes to sniff things to Mia eating poop. Okay, the closest one was definitely VMT's album.
Yeah.
The T-Rex one, I guess, was kind of close, but nah. Now we're all working together to build a character. So you can draw whatever you want, but first you got to start with the head. And make sure you guys cross the line at the bottom. I don't know what head I want to draw. Wait, I have an idea.
Draw the head?
Yes. You got to draw the head of your character, and then everyone's going to add on to it.
Oh.
Yeah, make sure you cross the line.
Okay, bet.
Oh, I know just what I'm about to draw. Are we doing backgrounds or no?
Nah.
No.
No backgrounds. Okay, okay. I'm gonna start with this. There's one. Oh, that's too big. Okay, there's one. There's two. That's looking good. Now let's get the pencil, and then we're gonna make it come out like this. Yep. There we go. And then make sure I cross the line like this. Boom. And then that'll connect right up here. Now we're gonna get a blue and then fill all this in. Paint bucket. Boom. Let's make it a little lighter like that. This is definitely one of the more simple drawings. There we go. Okay, we'll do one up here, one down here. And now I just gotta draw the mouth. And I'm pretty much done. This is definitely one of the easier ones I've drawn. We'll make the mouth come out right here and right here. Connect it like that. And then it's gotta go all the way down. And then I just gotta paint bucket this. Done. Now I'm just gonna clean it up and make it look better. I'm done with the rest of my drawing since it was really simple. What if I give him some little eyebrows? I don't know. I don't know if I like the eyebrows.
Oh, heck no.
Actually, I do like that. There we go. We just gotta get the blue again and then cover this up a little bit. Give him like a little mustache. Oops, that's not the right blue. There we go. Okay. Mustache time. Oh, yes, sir.
Mustache?
Yeah, I gave my guy a little mustache. He's bouge.
I spent a lot of time on this, so.
Well, you're done with like a lot of time left. So maybe you did not spend that much time.
No, I spent a lot of time on it. I paid very attention to detail.
Okay, Martin. Sure.
I did, man.
I'm gonna add a little bit of detail since I got so much time to work with right now. I'm gonna add some like hairs, some like details to his face, you know, some little squiggly lines here and there. We'll do one of these. I'm gonna make him look crazy. Oh yeah, this guy definitely
definitely looks insane. Oh my goodness. You know what? Why not give him like a nice tongue? Here we go. It's actually not nice. It's actually like kind of creepy looking. Oh yeah. Okay. Boom. Fill that in with the paint bucket, and I'm gonna confirm this.
All right, mine's done. It looks good.
I think mine's pretty good too. Y'all gotta work with this.
No, I don't think I will.
Yes, you have to work with it.
Okay, what? How am I supposed to draw the torso for this? I'm not even sure what this head's gonna look like. Oh my goodness. I'll try my best. I'll connect this.
Is this the Cookie Monster?
That's the thing. You don't know until you see it later.
Whoever it is added gloss to it.
I'm really hoping that I'm like not getting this completely wrong, to be honest. Oh my goodness, this might be the shortest torso I've ever made. I just realized I left no space for myself.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Wait. I have an idea. I have a goated idea, actually. Hold on. Ain't nobody gonna expect this from my character. Boom. And then we gotta do like the little arms like that. Yes, I'm cooking. Boom. I love this. There we go. Okay, now I just gotta fill in the shoulders. So we gotta like fill that in first. And then I gotta go in here. I'm just gonna go in with black. I'll recolor this all in a second, because right now the colors aren't matching. There we go. There's the shoulders. We're gonna grab a paint bucket and then fill this in the middle. Do the same thing on this side. And now I need the exact color. I think this is correct. That looks right.
I'm making bro look a little spiffy.
Oh, I'm making my guy look good. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I gotta get the skin tone back and then draw the rest of these arms. There we go. Okay, that looks good. I gotta do the same thing on this side though. I think I'm chilling on time. I don't really have to rush here, but I always think that and then I run out of time. So let me go a little quicker. Boom, we'll fill that in with the paint bucket. I gotta draw the rest of this. We'll go down like that. Oh yeah, this is definitely a short torso, but it's okay. Maybe I'll just like cut it off right here. I think that'll actually make this drawing look better. Yes, I like that. Boom, pow.
My drawing is so troll, bro.
Dude, you are so Sigma.
Whoever drew this head is gonna be mad.
I mean, I don't think you got mine, because I cooked on mine.
I hope it wasn't me.
I think I got Cookie Monster.
Oh, you think so?
Maybe.
Oh, perhaps you did.
It's the only possible thing, I think. This is Sonic.
I'm adding shading on mine. I got so much time to work with now. I hope you guys are able to tell what torso I drew here.
I got bro looking right. That's all I know.
Oh yeah, he looking good. I just realized I'm adding shading on like all my stuff. Maybe I should chill. Boom, we'll do some of these, some of that. Okay, I cooked. Yes, sir.
Okay, bows.
Done. I like that. I'm adding one last detail. Okay, there we go. Now I'm done. Oh, now I just gotta draw the legs of this. All right.
What?
Ew, what is this?
I think I could do this. What blue did this person use? Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I have a good idea for this as well. Let's start with the legs, obviously. And then we're gonna make them come out like that. Boom, there's one. Wait, that's too pointy. Hold on. There we go. There's one. Draw the other side of it here. And there's the other one. Boom. Okay, this isn't bad. And now I gotta match it with the rest of the dress. Dress to impress. Oh, yeah. Boom, and boom. Okay, perfect. I don't need to spend too much time on the bottom, because I'm spending the most time on the legs here. Fill that in. Let's fill that in. Let's also fill these shoes in. Why not? And then we gotta go for the small details. The very small details like this. Ah, yes. Now I just gotta do this for the rest of the round and I'm done.
My man, spiffy boy.
Boy, we looking good over here.
Boy.
Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna go overboard with this. You know, I don't even care anymore. I'm gonna add a ton of these. You guys are about to look at me differently because of how good at drawing I am. I might be competing with Zoe at this point.
I don't know about that.
No, I definitely am, because I am doing so good.
You kinda goated.
Nah.
I think I'm more goated than Zoe after this.
This fin little booty.
No, this is a W performance from my end.
I finished.
All right. I think I'm pretty much done too.
I'm done.
I'm just adding small details, because why not? Okay, I really did not need to add these details, but it's okay. There we go. Who's the last person we're waiting on?
I don't know.
Oh, there we go. All right, it's time to see all of our drawings. First is mine. So yes, VMT, you were right. I drew the Cookie Monster.
Bro, I knew it. Okay.
I thought I cooked, though. I thought that was pretty good.
That's good. That's good.
I got that boy looking right. Okay. Get that boy a little suit and tie.
Okay. Yeah, he's got his hands together, right? Oh!
Yeah, bro.
What happened to his legs?
You got a little scrape.
Okay.
Dang. You looking right, though.
Bro, why did the quality decrease as we went down?
Yo, I had to match the energy of what I saw, bro. I don't know what that was.
Okay. I thought my Cookie Monster cooked. Whatever.
It did. That was pretty good.
Mr. Peanut started with, oh!
Oh.
Very beautiful.
What's his name? It's like Caveman SpongeBob. That's what it is. Okay. Oh, I like that. I actually like that. This might be goated. Hold on. And then VMT drew.
My fault.
Oh, wait, no, that's not bad. This might actually look good.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Oh.
Hey, that boy looking right.
That's actually that looks like a real character. Okay, what about Mia's? Peter Griffin.
Yo.
Hello. I like that. Well, this is what I saw, so I gave him a Minecraft Steve body.
Hey, that works. That works.
Yo, and I gave him a double chin. Oh, yes, sir.
He got a long chin. Where's the feet?
Why do his hands go down into... Okay.
Is it just flying?
Why are the pants so big?
Yo.
Bro, those pants are huge.
Oh, no.
Wait, but I kind of cooked with my Steve. That's not bad. All right, next one. Shady started off with a... Oh, who's that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait. That looks a little familiar.
Oh, wait.
I think he wants to take a day off. What about Mr. Oh!
Oh, okay.
Yo, he's muscular. Wait, what? Oh, wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You poo-pooed?
Oh, yeah.
Heck no, bro.
There we go.
She got them wobble knees. What is that?
All right, I spent a lot of time on this.
I turned the shirt into a dress.
I spent a lot of time on this one, please.
All right, let's just get past VMTs. No, I'm playing. Let's see.
Oh, my.
What?
Bro spent a lot of time on it.
Listen, it took a lot of thought and effort. Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Wait, that cooked.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Mia.
Although, what is that six-pack? I don't think that's how six-packs are supposed to look. Yo!
Ew!
Why he's squatting and farting over like that?
Oh, no.
Somebody fought it. Audit.
8-beat on a roll. All right, Minor. Ooh, Spider-Man.
What? Spider-Man is so cool. Let's see what Spider-Man's wearing.
What did you do to him, bruh?
Yeah, that's what I got. So I put a skirt on him.
That one's probably my favorite.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Hey, yo. Actually, no, this is my favorite for sure.
Because we know who that is.
A day off.
Bro. All right.
All of these kind of cooked. Except for Cookie Monster. What is that, bruh?
Bro, Cookie Monster's fire.
He's doing the pose.
Oh, man. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we play this hilarious game called Repo, which is basically a horror game, and your goal is to go inside a building and collect as many valuables as possible. Then, once you can fill up your cart with as much stuff as you can, you have to sell it and try and hit a certain quota. Once you do that, you can escape and move on to the next level. But if your friends die, then you have to revive them if you want to move on. So let's see if we can be silent and not die to any of these monsters. Alright guys, we have one goal and one goal only. Get as many valuable items as possible and don't die to the monsters. We need to bring it back to the truck safely.
Nah, you look funny, bro.
Let's do it.
Yo, you look funny. No, I don't look funny.
I look good.
We gotta go in.
Nah, I look good.
And make sure none of you guys break the items. This is the cart we need to fill all of our valuables with.
Okay.
We have $0 worth of stuff.
Push me.
Nah.
Push me, Daddy.
Okay, don't, Peanut, that's enough. Here, I'll push you this way. Let's go.
Whoa, guys, this is gonna be scary.
It's gonna be very scary. There's monsters in here that we need to avoid.
Stop.
Oh, I see something. Here, let me get it. $500. Boom. Look at that.
Fine.
All right, hold it, Peanut.
Yeah.
Do not break it. Are there any other items in here of value?
Ooh, if you press tab, you can see what rooms we haven't explored.
Oh, that's true. And it shows you yellow dots. Is that where stuff is? Is that Shady?
Give it to me, Mimo.
Oh, that's Mia.
Do we pick up just anything?
I got a $2,900 item.
Yeah, anything that's worth value, you take.
I got it.
Bring all of the valuables.
Shady, are you spamming the chat? What just happened to the Peanut?
I broke something.
Oh my goodness. Peanut, you gotta get out of the cart. You're breaking stuff.
Oh, yeah.
You're breaking stuff, Peanut.
My bad.
Oh, what is this?
How do I know if I pick something up?
I think I found uranium bombs, guys. There's glowing chemicals in here.
I'm sorry.
What was that?
I'm lost.
Yeah, you have to hold it and drag.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
I feel like I'm about to encounter a monster.
Oh gosh, guys.
What?
Whenever you knock an object into a wall, it loses value.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful.
Oh!
If you scroll, you can bring it closer to your body.
Oh, true.
All right, I'm putting a $600 crown in there.
Where's the box?
Hold tab and then you can find it.
Tab.
All right, tab. Okay, the cart's that way.
No! $3,000 down the drain!
Shady, are you bringing items for us, bruh?
Someone's getting bit by something.
Oh, no.
Okay. Just be very careful, Cash. Do not hit the crown.
Thank you.
What is that?
Oh, no. It's a clown.
What's going on?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, did you find a monster already?
All right.
What is that thing? There's a little goblin chasing me.
Take it. Oh my god, it's coming.
Okay, so we've already encountered one monster. Oh, that one's big. Get me away from that guy.
Is that a little chicken?
No, I just broke the door.
It's a friend.
I swung a door too hard and broke it, guys.
Oh, brother.
My fault. Okay, monster. Oh, he's right there. Oh, ew. I don't like that guy.
It's under my baby.
It is a little baby. All right. If you crouch, you can hide from the monster pretty easily. Who is that? Oh, that's Nico. Oh, thank goodness.
Guys, also you can just bring the items directly to spawn and it automatically counts it up.
Well, if we put it in the cart, it'll make it easier to bring everything back.
Well, if you're closer to spawn in that case.
That's true. All right, be careful, Nico. Don't die to a monster in here.
There's something grunting.
Ew.
It's me. Wow.
What do you mean? I'm nowhere near you, Cash. I'm just chilling.
Okay.
Is there anything good over here?
You can open cabinets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep running.
Where are the goodies?
Okay, I got something.
Why do I hear something? Oh my goodness, that's Meebo.
Hello.
Oh, he's being chased.
Careful, Nico!
Oh.
God.
God, no, I'm not talking to you anymore. My 600.
I just made Mia lose like $600.
Hey, look, $500.
Stop!
Maybe there's stuff in here if you want it.
Coming over there to take it.
The duck is scary.
It's okay, just crouch, Meebo. We won't die to him. Guys, if you see a little rubber ducky, don't trust it.
I know, Shady.
Okay.
Why is he looking at me? Why he looking at me?
I'm gonna lead him this way.
Okay.
Dude, what is that?
Yo, Meebo, he's barking at you.
Don't touch him.
Okay, I won't. I'll be very careful. I think he left. You can also hide under things, guys.
Guys, we're griefing.
Dude, this thing has a dangly blob on his head.
Yo, what is that thing?
No, it's...
Oh, no, it's shooting. It's shooting lasers. It's shooting lasers.
Oh, my cheese.
Ew. Any more items of value?
Yo, it's coming around.
Guys, we have an $8,000 quota. We need to reach that.
Okay. I see where you guys are. I'm on my way. Wait, is that a monster?
I'm bringing the cart back.
What is that thing?
Yo, the car is looking a little full. I would say bring the cart back.
Oh my goodness. Please don't kill me. I just ran and hid in a corner. I'm alive.
I got the cart.
Yo, Mia, you're gonna bring him over here.
Okay, go back to spawn.
Hello, Shady.
Go under the table. Oh, yeah, see?
Oh.
Hey, Shady, what's up?
Okay, Mia and I found a spot to hide. Oh, that's the duck.
Oh, my cheese.
Okay, let's go.
It knows you're there. It's gonna murk you.
No, the duck's coming this way, Mia. Oh my god.
It's okay. It's okay.
Stop it.
Oh, no.
Don't tell me he can come under the table.
I don't think he can.
Stop barking at me, duck.
Yo.
You're gonna let. Oh!
Oh, I'm out.
Oh, he's going. Stop it, ducky. Stop it. This duck keeps quacking at me, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Can he go away? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore you. Oh my god.
How you guys doing over there?
I'm being chased by a duck. He's chasing Mia now.
Put the items in the quota box.
I'm scared.
I'm hiding.
How much stuff do we have so far?
A lot.
Okay, good.
We have enough.
Should I come back to the truck?
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Mia. This way.
We saw something crazy, bruh.
Go.
We must run.
Guys, we need to move it over.
Wait, don't do it.
What do you mean, don't do it?
No, just put the card in there.
No, we have to wait.
Hello.
They might have items.
Oh, okay.
$17,000? Oh my goodness.
Oh, my cheese.
Push the cart.
Okay, I'll push it. Wait, but I don't want to break that big thing.
It's okay.
All right. Meow. And boom.
Whoa, 42,000.
Oh, yeah.
We're rich.
Tax return.
And we got returned 14,000 bucks.
No way.
Stand back.
Oh my goodness. Back away.
Oh, what is that?
Yay. Oh, my cheese.
Time to truck.
Time to leave.
All right, everybody get in the truck.
Oh, yes.
Yay.
I'm hiding.
Oh, look at Meebo under there.
Hello, Bibba.
Is everybody in?
We're in.
Hello.
Oh, the duck's in here.
Hello, buddy.
I'm closing the truck. That was a good first round.
Whoa! Ew!
It's in here.
Whoa.
How did the duck enter the truck with us?
Does that mean we have a new pet?
My new pet. All right, now we're at the service station.
I'm alive.
We can get items to purchase.
What should we buy?
Got a lot of money.
We got $22,000 to spend. There's med kits over here, but they're $3,000 each.
Sprint speed upgrade.
The large ones are $11,000. Pocket cart.
Ooh. Are these permanent upgrades?
Yeah, how do the upgrades work?
I don't know. Explosive mine, energy crystal.
I low-key think we should do each of us get 22K?
What if we got a valuable tracker?
But there's personal upgrades over here.
Oh,
The peanut said it only affects one person.
What?
Here's the personal ones.
let me see.
We already saw that.
Stamina upgrade, strength upgrade, health upgrade. Max map player count.
It would be greedy.
Guys, I feel like a valuable tracker it would be the best.
Nico, follow me.
Okay.
Okay.
Get in the toilet.
Get in the toilet.
Oh.
Yeah, them clouds.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Yo, Nico, get out of the toilet.
Ow!
Nah.
Ow, you flushing me!
Oh.
Ew.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
You okay?
Are you okay?
My turn.
I feel poopy.
Why do you voluntarily want to be flushed? Ew. Ew.
Ew, ow.
Where did he go?
I landed on the peanut's face.
Oh,
Oh, are you okay? Get up here. Nah.
what's happening?
I'll wash you off, Peanut.
I think we should get a valuable tracker. What do you think? Can I see what it does by pressing E? Oh, turn it on.
Yo, you break it, you buy it.
I feel like we've been finding enough valuables ourselves, so we don't need it.
You break it, you buy it, dude.
Okay, well, if I break it, then I buy it. Oh, no.
What did you say?
Explosive mine.
What did you say, Shady?
What is that?
Yo, well, we're only 2 seconds.
Okay. It's extracted everything.
Shady.
Ah!
Oh, what?
Why?
I'm okay.
It's okay. We don't take damage in here anyways.
Yeah.
Should we get some med kits and just go?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's do it.
Careful, Meebo.
Yo, Meebo.
Meebo.
What do you mean? What's gonna happen?
Oh.
Oh, nah.
Ah!
Oh, nah.
Meebo, we just bought you.
Okay.
I have 15 health.
Let's go into the next game now.
Wait, I died.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Taxman.
I'm alive.
All right, I say this round, every man for himself. We just go and get as much stuff as possible.
Okay.
I'm gonna move the health packs over here if you want them.
Shady, here you go.
Let's go.
What did you do?
We want to find some valuables.
It's time to go insane.
Did you just use one of our health packs?
I'm speedrunning the loot.
No, I bought a stamina pack secretly,
I started it.
but I didn't tell anybody.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. You're my son.
Level 2, Mechanic Station.
Mechanic.
I'm scared.
All right, take the cart. Let's split up and then get as many items as possible and do not die. Ow!
All right, let's go.
Hello?
Oh, nah.
I'm about to get the loot.
Oh, look at this. A little green cup.
Oh my goodness. I got Meebo and Peanut in the cart.
Whoa.
Is there stuff around here I can get?
I got a crayon.
The cup is worth 1,000.
I'm sorry.
What was that, Meebo?
I got a clock. I got a clock.
Oh my gosh. There's literally a guy with a gun.
Protect me. No.
All right, I'll protect Meebo.
Careful, careful.
There's a guy with a gun.
Is it like the Nutcracker?
Yes, bro.
Oh, nah.
Oh, this is worth 1,500. No one knock into me.
All right.
Guys, he's coming.
I'm just looting right now.
I think the Peanut's in trouble. Just distract him while we loot more stuff.
Dang, you just left him to die.
Oh my gosh, he's coming for the cart.
He's blind.
Come on, Vivo.
You told him to go eat chopped liver, basically.
No.
Be quiet.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, what did I just hear?
What was that? Whoa!
How do I even pull this? How do I even pull this?
Anything in the bathroom?
Dude, there's like an eyeball thing in there.
Ew. What is this? Wait, I found something.
I don't even know where we are.
I don't even know where he's sitting at. Ow!
I don't even know where he's sitting at.
I just slid into something.
Wait, look in here. What is this thing? What is this eyeball on the ceiling?
Don't look at it. It hurts you.
Oh my goodness, this item's losing value because I'm hitting stuff.
Oh my gosh. He's so nuts.
What is this?
What?
Oh, ew.
It's a barrel.
Ew, there's a guy out there. I'm hiding.
Locked?
A barrel? Oh no, I don't want to mess with that.
It's $9,000.
What? We need to bring that back. Is this monster gone yet? Oh.
Wait, the barrel's $5,000.
9.
Okay, I'll move it, but it's gonna explode, so everyone be careful.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm bringing this small little pocket watch to the cart.
Take it slowly. Yo, take it slowly.
Help me.
Uh-oh, Meebo needs help.
Where are you?
What if he shoots it?
Oh, okay. I carry it with you.
Okay,
Oh no.
Where do we bring this?
drop it in there.
Oh, I got another one.
Go in.
It's flammable.
I'll help.
Go in.
Here, catch it.
Let's bring this to spawn. Bring it to spawn.
Okay. Oh no, oh no.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Here, Nico, catch this.
Bro, I got a TNT barrel on me, bruh. You're crazy. Oh no.
We have 13,000 in the cart already.
All right, it's in.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. Okay, we got money already.
Oh, we got tons of money.
We can get more money.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Everybody hide.
What was that?
Ow! I'm been shot.
Hide.
It's okay.
Okay.
Now we get the money.
All right, we got the money.
We have to clear all the extraction points if we want to leave.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at the map.
I know where the other one is.
All right, I'm gonna go across the map.
Yo, Shady, bring that gaming PC back to spawn.
No.
Did it just lose $1,000?
Oh, ew.
The other one.
Okay, I see the extraction point.
This thing just lost literally just $1,000, bro.
Oh no.
Where do we go?
Oh my gosh.
Why do I hear shots?
I'm shutting the door, bro. Okay, I just opened up the extraction point.
Oh my goodness, he's right there. Why is he searching around for me?
Guys, there's still so much loot.
I know. Oh, I see you, Nico. Hello.
Yo, chill, bro.
All right, all right. I'm gonna grab this for you.
Yeah, grab that.
All right.
All right, I'm running.
Yo, go. It's this way, Nico. Oh, Martin.
I know the way.
Do you know the way?
Bro, I just hid behind a door, dude.
All right, 16,000.
The guy with the gun was in here, Peanut.
Yeah, I saw him. He should be dead.
Oh my goodness, he's coming. He's about to come through the door.
Wait, guys.
Oh!
Oh my, you just got rid of my item.
That is my bad. I don't know why I did it to you.
You know what?
No, I'm sorry, please.
You know what, Mia?
This old man's trying to kill me.
Oh, I deserve this. I deserve it. Oh.
Okay, the truck is over that way.
I didn't know I could drag you around. This is kind of fun.
Guys, help!
Nico, are you bullying?
Ugh.
Yes!
No, I'm taking over treasure. Oh, wait, it's worth $0.
Alright!
I'll be your one-up girl.
Was that messed up?
I'll have you know, my mommy says I'm priceless.
Exactly, $0.
Okay, this is where we sell all the items. We need to bring the cart here.
No, we got a lot already. Look.
Oh, nice.
What the heck duo was that?
Nice.
What was that?
I don't know.
Us.
Okay, we got $7,000 in here, and I think we have like almost 20K in the cart.
Oh yeah.
He for real just walked up in here and was like,
Oh, no.
us.
Oh, no. Us.
Hello.
Okay, I don't see any monsters here.
I'll hold your door open.
Hey.
I'll hold it.
There's a pocket watch.
Pocket watch.
Nothing else in those lockers. What am I hearing?
How are you still alive?
Us.
I think we cleared out a lot of this.
Yeah, I know.
I think we did for sure.
Oh! You didn't realize you were right there, sir. That's my fault. Don't you come busting through the door now.
All right, I'm going back to the truck.
Okay, Meebo's bringing the cart all the way to the extraction point.
Nice. Oh, yeah, speed run.
Us.
I found something.
Go, go, go. Before that old man comes and kills us.
I have a plate.
Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Drive the boat. Drive the boat.
Yo, I need that stamina upgrade. Shady, what's your stamina at?
It only gave me like 10 plus 10 stamina. It's kind of mid.
Ugh.
Oh, watch out. Someone's bringing something.
Shall we gotta shut the door?
Yeah, shut the door.
Wait.
Watch out, buddy.
Get in there.
Hey, we getting the loot.
Oh, yeah. $29,000.
I'm back at the truck, by the way.
Uh-oh.
I'm scared.
What did Mia just say in the chat?
That wasn't me, bro.
Oh, nah.
How dare you blame me?
Okay, we're at $51,000 now.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go back to the truck.
Us.
Before that old man shoots us.
Us.
Oh, nah.
I'm scared.
Oh, I hear him.
Oh my gosh. Bro sneezing like a dad. What is that?
Is that an eyeball on the ceiling?
And the eyeball.
There's a malnourished eyeball on the ceiling.
Ew, 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 ew.
Get down! Oh!
Oh my gosh, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Hide. I'm gonna go under a table. Why is the door disassembled?
Let's go. Yo,
He just shot my door.
Us!
only me and Meebo are back at spawn.
Okay, we're on our way, but there's an old man camping us right now.
Hello? I'm gonna open the door.
You guys come out.
All right, we're on our way.
Come out.
Peanut, I don't think we can go yet.
Yo.
He's right there.
Okay.
Just crouch by him.
Us!
Ah!
Yo, we're running now? Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good.
No!
We did it. Is everybody in the truck?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, look at them hiding there.
Hello.
Everybody hiding. All right, I'll close it. Yeah.
Us!
Let us out.
We're rich.
We're the eyes under Patrick's house. Yeah, true. Who are you people? Oh, yeah. 50K.
Let's make some money.
We're gonna make a lot more money now. What do we want to buy?
I'm gonna be selfish and do personal upgrades on myself.
Nah.
Huh.
What does the frying pan do?
Probably hits the bad guy.
I want to buy the frying pan so I can hit the bad guys. All right, I'm gonna buy that pan. Give me that.
Frying pan? You just spent $16,000 on a frying pan.
Yeah, it's probably a really good weapon. I need it. We have 28K left if you guys want to buy stuff.
Let me low-key buy myself a speed upgrade. No one's looking.
Nah, I'm looking.
What are you talking about? Give me that speed upgrade.
I'm gonna get a speed upgrade too. Give me stamina.
I want stamina.
I want it too. Let's buy it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, stamina's only 3K. Okay, bet. Don't mind if I do.
Yo, Nico, save some for the rest.
There they are.
Okay.
Oh.
Stamina upgrade. Here we go.
Yo, guys, I got the speed up. Yo, who stole my speed upgrade?
I just took a stamina.
It wasn't me.
Okay, no, actually, wait, maybe I did a speed upgrade. Okay, never mind. I'm sorry.
All right, here's my frying pan. I'm gonna keep this here. Let's go. Level 3. Swift Broom Academy.
Oh, this is sick.
All right. There's an extra stamina upgrade there if somebody wants.
Oh my gosh, you go so fast with the speed upgrade.
I got it. Whoa.
All right. I have 50 stamina now. I didn't get a speed upgrade, but at least I have more to work with.
I'm scared.
Yeah, Cash, you gotta invest next time.
All right, I will. Let's see if there's anything we can get off spawn.
All right.
Any cool items?
I am going to just search everything right now.
That's what I'm doing.
Anything good?
Oh.
Nothing good yet. There's a book here. Gross.
Wait, can you use the frying pan to open the locks?
Oh, let me see the front. Let me go get it.
Maybe.
I'm just gonna use it to kill any monsters.
Oh.
Yo, chat, I got $600 on me. No one run into me. Oh, thank you.
Frying pan equipped. Make sure you put stuff in your inventory whenever you grab it.
Oh, wait, how do you do that?
Oh.
You press 1, 2, and 3 when you hold it.
Oh, okay, Bush. Oh, and I just lost $2,700.
Nah.
What?
You don't fumble.
Here, I got it, Peanut. You wanna drop it?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
And more.
Here you go, Meebo.
Thank you.
Guys, I need help picking up this item. It's $11,000.
I'm on my way. Let me see where you're at.
I see you.
Oh, Mia, you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And more.
Be so careful with this, okay?
Okay.
I think we need. Oh gosh, we may need a third person. Yo, I don't know if it's gonna fit in there.
We need 3 people to put it in, right?
Yeah, no, we do. Yes, Meebo.
Ow.
Oh, it's eating.
Meebo's getting hit. What do I do?
Oh, Meebo's got a potion.
It's eating all our stuff.
What are you talking about?
Okay, we're good.
Okay, we got 8,000 in the cart so far. Ew, what is that?
Yo, I think we need 4 people to carry this thing.
Is that Slenderman?
Help!
Oh no.
There was a monster in the corner.
Oh no. Okay, everyone work. Everyone lift it.
All right, lift it. Yeah. What is that?
What is that thing?
Oh my god!
Ew, it's nasty looking. Oh my goodness.
Oh no, what is that? What is that? What is that?
Yo, Nico's getting chased back there.
Yo, get me out of here, bruh.
No, not me. Don't you come for me. Oh my goodness.
Yo, guys, it's not looking good out there. I'm not gonna lie.
How am I alive right now?
The difficulty is increasing.
It tried to kill me, but it wasn't able to.
I know, right?
Do not eat me. What if I frying pan it? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, nah, he's creepy looking.
Meebo, no. Meebo!
Ah, get off of Meebo! Get off of Meebo!
Oh my jeez.
I'm frying panning him. Oh! Are you serious? Yo, get back here. I'm not letting that happen to me.
Oh no.
Where are you at? You want some of this, huh? Die. I died.
All right, I'm putting Meebo in the cart. Dead Meebo's in the cart whenever we extract him.
Nico, help.
I'm dead.
Wait, Cash, where's your body? I can extract you and revive you.
It's where that head just was. It's in the corner.
Where?
In the corner there.
Ah, where is it?
Oh my goodness. It's on your butt.
Ow!
Oh, it's eating Nico right now.
Oh!
Oh, we need to get out of here.
Oh, he died.
Yo, chat, it's not looking good.
We got this.
Go save me, please.
Okay. Oh, no. No.
Oh, Mia died too. It's just Mr. Peanut left. You got this.
Oh no.
You're hiding.
Guys, I'm here. Don't worry.
Where you been, bro?
Don't fret. Shady, the king is here.
Shady, we need you, bro.
Nothing wrong with showing up fashionably late.
Oh, nah.
What is this?
That's Nico's dead head.
Revive other players by extracting their heads?
Oh, Mr. Peanut's grabbing Mia.
Okay.
Yes.
Yo, Shady, all you need to do is bring the cart over to the extraction center.
Can I crack your head on accident?
Please don't.
Like, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to do it on accident.
Yes.
Ow!
We have enough money. Oh, that was messed up, Peanut.
Not bad.
Oh, finally.
Okay, so now everyone will be revived.
I don't know.
Yes. And we're back.
I'm back.
Let's go.
Oh, I have 1 health though. I gotta watch out.
Wait, we have medkit.
True that. We gotta go to the other extraction point.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna use this small health pack. Yeah, only 26.
Let's go.
Is there another extraction point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This way.
We gotta get another. Oh, what is that?
Oh, what is that thing? Oh, ew.
Yo, Shady.
Yo, that monster is gross looking.
You can share your health with Cash if you hold the back of his neck.
I'm scared too.
Ew.
Okay, we're good. It's gone.
This way.
Oh, it's back. Ew. It's nasty. What is going on?
How?
I think I looked at it too long. I was trying to look at the tablet and it killed me.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
What the heck?
Oh, nah. Yo, Nico, watch out. There's a skull behind you. I would crouch. Oh, you're walking towards it?
What you? Ah, you're right. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
No. Bro, follow me. Ugh.
Nah, he tracked you. Oh, nah.
That thing just jump scared me.
Oh my goodness. Meebo's getting attacked by an Easter bunny right now.
Hi, I was wondering if you had another. Whoa!
Ew.
You got me killed!
Yo, what is he doing to Shady?
Brother!
Oh my gosh.
Why am I on the ground?
I'm very scared.
Yo, Meebo just survived somehow. Oh my goodness, that is a huge statue.
Whoa. Okay, so we just pick it up.
Oh, wow.
I'm hiding from an Easter bunny.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, don't crank it.
Oh no, my God.
Wow.
Is it on?
That was impressive. $31,000 for that huge statue too.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Nice work.
Wow.
Let me make sure it's clear. Over here. No floating giant ugly head. Do we got Cash's head and stuff in there?
No.
Meebo's bringing back Mia's.
Where's Cash's head at?
Boom. Both extraction points completed.
I'm alive.
I'll go back.
I have been brought back from the dead.
Watch the head.
Let's go.
All right, back over to spawn.
Yeah, we're already in the truck.
Oh no, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Yo, what is that? What is that?
What is what?
Guys, I'm seeing a monster. Yo, guys, there's a monster in the way of getting back to the truck.
Oh, nah.
Oh,
that's a big daddy.
I'm back.
A Slenderman too.
That's a big daddy.
You don't see me.
Oh no, the peanut's dying.
Oh no, are you serious? Oh, and I'm dead. Okay, well. I died too.
Meebo got Nico's head.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, good. I'm over here dodging a skull.
Nico's back.
I've been revived for the 3rd time.
So if you bring it back to the truck, they get revived. Where did the peanut go?
I died in the corner.
Just keep on walking. Oh my god.
I'm in the corner on the cart.
In the corner on the cart.
So what do I do? Do I chill in the truck or?
Meebo, watch out.
What are the moves here?
I'm chilling. I'm not trying to die.
Can't we just get out and they'll revive?
Maybe. Let's just go.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
Hey, Mia, come over here.
We did it. And Peanut's back.
Finally, we're back here.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. That was stressful.
Had me tweaking.
Yeah, these levels are definitely getting more difficult.
Yeah, true. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye!
What's up, guys? Today we're playing Night Shift, a game where you have to deliver pizza at 3 a.m. And if you don't already remember, I've played a game kind of like this, but I had to deliver packages. It was kind of like for FedEx. This time we're working in a pizza shop. Hey, can't say I'm not going to eat any of the pizza, am I right? Someone calling my phone? Well, I guess we got to answer that, especially if we're working here. Okay, the graphics of this game are kind of buns, but that's definitely on purpose. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Congrats on the job. Welcome to your first ever night shift.
Oh, hey, boss. I need to see your boss.
You're right. There is a checklist with all the things you will do in your shift.
Ah, I see the checklist. Yes. Okay.
I already took care of the pizza. All you need to do is to hand it to the delivery boy when he arrives.
Ah.
Second thing is cleaning the tables. This is the fun part. Just fix the table by arranging the chairs.
Okay, so I gotta fix these chairs.
Last thing, take out the trash in the back.
Ah.
Your shift starts now and ends when you finish your task. Good luck.
Okay.
And
what did I just hear?
do not let anyone eat.
Why do I hear police outside? Okay, too many things are going on at once. He said there's 3 objectives. I just have to pick up all these chairs and fix them on the tables. And I have to go give the pizza to the delivery boy. And then I just have to go take out the trash. And you know what? I'm actually going to take out the trash last. Because I feel like going outside right now is just not a good idea. Now, do I just carry these one by one? Where's the delivery guy? Oh, he's right there. There you go, sir. Okay, we just got to do 4 of these. Slight work. Hello? Where's the next boy? Boy, if you don't. All right, fine. I guess I'll just move. Why are these chairs everywhere? Are we serious? Okay, whoever left this place a mess, I'm suing you. For real. What is this? Okay, so far we got 1 pizza delivered, 1 table cleaned, and then 0 trash. Okay. Am I supposed to just take these chairs and throw them through this window? Yeah, that makes sense. That's probably the only way I could do it. Oh, I'm hearing someone driving up. I'm gonna have to give them the pizza when they're here. Honestly, these tasks are pretty simple. It doesn't look like I have to really do much. Chair right there. We'll put a chair over here. It's a little dark in this section. Can I turn on the lights? Oh, wait, the delivery boy's here. I gotta give him his pizza. Ah! Hold on, stop honking. I'm gonna be there in 1 second, sir. Wait, what? Where are you at? You want me to deliver it through this door? Yo. Where's the delivery boy? I just saw him drive by. Oh, wait, he probably took it off the counter. Oh. Yeah, look at that. We got 2 pizzas delivered. Okay. So if I just leave them on the counter. Who are you? Hi. That was a little awkward. Bro was just looking. He didn't even say anything to me. Whatever. Let me do my chores in peace. What is this light coming from this door? Oh, hi. Oh, this is the trash. Okay, you know what? I'll do that in a second. Do I have to... I heard something. Hello? Yo, there's so many chairs. Okay, you know what? Let me just focus the chairs before I do anything else. The delivery guy just took the next pizza, so I gotta restock that. But chair, you go right there. Perfect. Okay, another phone call. What do you want? Who is it? Hello? Hello? No one? Okay, I'm being prank called right now. Yo, I don't have time to deal with all this, okay? I'm supposed to be cleaning up chairs right now, and for some reason, they're in the freezer. Why are we in the freezer? Get out to the main room. Yeah, you too, buddy. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Oh, what is that? What do I do? No. Who are you? Oh my god. No. No, I'm just gonna juke you around the table. Oh god. What do I do? Am I supposed to? Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, the trash. Stop. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a heart attack, bro. Okay, let me start taking out the trash now. I haven't done that yet. And I want to do it before something out here kills me. Okay, open up. I gotta put you inside. Oh god, why is that so loud? Yo. We can't be doing this. I'm literally so close to getting my job done too. Can I get this trash through the door? Thank you very much. Open up, trash can. There we go. Get in. Okay, why are there cops constantly coming out here? Can you get that little girl that was chasing me? I feel like that would be super helpful right now. Whatever, they're trying their best. All right, trash bag number 3. What did I just hear? Oh, that was me hitting the gate. Okay, that trash can's full, so I think I have to put 2 in this one. All right, hold on. I'm getting... Yeah, dude, just take your pizza. There you go. All right, all the pizzas are delivered, so now it's just this last trash bag and any more of those chairs that I forgot. All right, you get in there. Yo, are you in? Yo, can this trash bag get in? Bro. Are you... Oh, no. Not the little girl again. I'm gonna use the table straight against you. Oh my god. Enough with the phone calls.
Hey pal, how you doing? Just checking up on you.
What are you saying? You trying to talk to me right now? Okay, I got all the trash, all the pizza. Now I just need to do the rest of the tables. So I just gotta bring the chairs over. And this one, and there's just one chair missing. Where is that last chair? You think the chair just grew legs and got away? Get out of the bathroom. No! No! Dead to Ghost Girl, right as I was on my last chair. And I have to restart from the first night? Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. I got a new strategy. Pushing all the trash out at the same time. Yep. Oh my god. No, get away. No, I don't like her. Don't you turn off the light on me. Are you serious right now, bro? You, Martin, you turn off the light on me? Do you know who I am? Kind of a nobody, but who cares? Oh my god. I really don't like the sounds of this game. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I'm gonna ignore the phone. Can I just get my job done, guys? Please. Alright, is that all the trash bags? That's gotta be all of them, right? Okay, good, it is. Now I just gotta deliver the rest of the pizza. I got all the tables and all the trash done. So it should be simple, right? It should just be pizza and that's it. That's the easiest part. I just bring the pizza and I place it right there. Now I swear, if that ghost girl comes even close to me, I'm throwing hands! I'm gonna throw hands at you! Okay, let me stop freaking out. She's not even here yet. Let's just keep delivering the pizza. You know what? I'm gonna actually bring it over here so it's a little easier. Perfect, nice and organized. I love it. Ew, where are you? I don't think I want to know. Don't you dare come through that door. Can these delivery drivers please hurry up? You guys are slow. Can I not just talk to them and tell them that there's like a ghost girl chasing me or... Hey, I need the deliveries made. Please. Oh my god, I see someone out there. Is that the... That's not the girl though, that's like a dude. No. I heard you laughing at me. If I stare at her for too long, that's when she starts chasing me. So whenever I see her, I just need to look away. Oh my gosh. Okay, who's calling? Wart. Wart, do you want?
Don't forget, do not let anyone in.
What do you mean, don't let anyone in? Yeah, obviously. Oh wait, should I go lock the door or something? I should probably go lock the door. Can I lock it? Oh, wait, we got pizza delivery. All right, thank you. Come on in, Mr. Delivery Guy. Hurry it up. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, one more pizza left, and then we can complete the night, right? Yo, where is this last delivery guy? Can we hurry it up? I've been waiting here for like 5 minutes. Yes, finally. Come take the last pizza so I can get out of here, please. And boom, there we go. We completed everything. Easy. Oh, it only took 2 tries. And now where am I going? Am I leaving? Oh, that's me leaving. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty good at this job. That was slight work. Second night. All right, I don't know if this night's gonna be harder than the last or kind of just the same thing, but I feel like she's gonna attack me way more. So let me lock in with my dodging skills.
I added a new checklist for you.
A new checklist? What do you mean?
You know the drill.
Oh, he's just talking about this. Okay, well, wait, that's easy. I'm gonna do the chairs first. I like doing the chairs. Also, it doesn't make me go into the bathroom where that little girl is, so. Oh my god, oh my. Who was that? All right, so we're trolling now. Really? I'm being pranked every single time I try and work here. Turn on this light. Oh my goodness, there's still blood in there. Ugh. I don't like the little girl laughing at me. I want to avoid that at all costs, please. Oh, hi, sorry. Yep, forgot about you. Take it, thank you. Get all the chairs. Chairs are most important. #1 priority. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Oh my god. Oh, I saw you there. I saw you, buddy. Okay, let's place all the chairs on the table. And boom, I think that's the last one. Perfect. Now that all those are done. Okay, hi, phone.
Mamma mia.
Stop it. Enough. No, Mamma Mia. We gotta do 5 more pizzas and then all the trash bags. Okay, easy. I'm just... No. Where are you at? Oh, you're right there. Oh, ew. Ew, you're gross. Ew, you're gross. Don't you dare come through that doorway. I'm checking the doorway. Is she still there? Okay, she's not there anymore, right? Is she gonna pop out around this door? Turn on the lights, please. Thank you. All right, now let me do my trash bags without getting attacked. I really don't like this girl. She's terrifying me. I'm doing my method again where I just take all of them out first like this. And then it makes it way easier to actually take out the trash. All right, open up. We got 4 in total, so 1 in each trash can. Oh my God, this door is so annoying. Cut it out. 1. Oh, you're in the wrong spot. 1. No, where are you at? Where are you at, little girl? Where are you? Where are you? Oh! Oh! Bro, what do you mean? What am I supposed to do? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah, okay. I see how we like to play now. Yeah, I got it, boss. Don't worry about me. Is there another way out? If I get attacked by this girl, can I like hop over the fence or something? No. Okay, so how about we do the trash first this time? No, what? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh my God. Oh no. Where did you? Huh? Oh my God. Like, can I just do the trash? Please. Thanks. Skibidi toilet. Where are you at? Ah! Ah! Oh, she's still in the kitchen. She's in the kitchen. You're so gross. Oh my God. Please cut it out with all that. Okay, she's gone, I think. Oh. Alright, now we do all the chairs. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, I hear someone. Oh, ew. What do you want, bro? What do you want? I think I have to look at the intruder to get him out. Because if I don't look at him, then he gets inside. So don't look at the ghost girl, but do look at the intruder whenever he's outside. And I think that's the strat. All the tables and all the trash are done. So now it's just pizza deliveries only. And we already got 1 coming in. Here you go, bud. Oh God, who's turning out the lights? Who's turning out my lights?
I would love it if you stopped, bro. Oh my goodness, man.
All right, now I'm gonna stay out here so the delivery guys come. Ghost girl, don't you mess with... Oh my God, she's right behind me. Oh my God. No! You don't chase me right now. Don't you chase me right now. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. She's crawling! Oh! Why are you crawling? Ew! Ew, you're gross. Oh my God, I can't even see you. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh, the intruder's gone too. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so stressed out right now. Oh, holy mother of pearl. I can't take this. When she crawls, it's impossible to see her. What do you want? What do you want?
Don't forget. Do not let
Yeah, I know. Don't let anybody in. I got it. No one's coming in, dude. I'm making sure that intruder is gone. Oh God, I just heard her laugh. Okay, I'm not looking. 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 Is she still behind me? Oh my God. Can I look now? Can I look now? Is the intruder somewhere over here? Okay, she's not there anymore, right? Okay, so whenever I hear her laugh, just do not look at her. And then I just gotta make sure to look out of all these windows. Any pizza delivery guys, please? Can you hurry up? I'm being attacked by 2 things. Okay, yes, this is number 4. Cool. Thank you, Mr. Pizza Delivery Guy. The last pizza's waiting on you. I'm gonna fend off any intruder that tries to come through these windows. And any ghost girl that laughs behind me, I'm not looking at her. Oh my God. What did you... I didn't even look at you for that long. I didn't even look at you for that long. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Don't you dare. Okay, you're not crawling. Oh my God, you're crawling. Oh my God, you're crawling. Ew. Ew, you are so gross. You're so... Why are you so fast? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, she's gone. She's gone. Any intruders? Please? Hello? What? The phone was ringing. Oh my God. Can we please just get the last delivery driver here already? Please. Is that him? No, it's not. Oh, yes, that's him. Yes. Go take that last pizza. Get me out of here, please. Yes. Yes, toilet. Oh my God, this game is hard, bro. Okay, well, that's night 2 complete, I believe. How many nights are there? Oh, okay. Last night. So there's only 3 nights. Guess that answers my question. Now the question is there anything else I have to deal with? If it's just the ghost girl and the intruder, I think I could do that. What do you want? All right, thanks for the new checklist, boss. I need to see her, boss. Trash bags first. We already know the drill. This is the last night, so we gotta lock in. All right, trash bags in there. If I hear any laughing, do not look in her direction whatsoever. But if she spawns in front of me, I don't really know what to do. I'm not gonna lie. All right, trash bags, you go there. Let's make sure there's no chairs in here. Of course there is. What? What? What do you mean run? What do you mean run? I don't want to look in your direction. I don't want to look in your direction, but if there's an intruder there, I have to look. Okay, is she gone? Okay, she's gone. Any intruders? No. All right, chairs, you go outside. Oh my god, this night's gonna be the hardest of them all. Let's hurry up and get these ones out of the bathrooms. I don't like being in the bathroom. Okay, yeah, pizza delivery. I know. Let me just get my chairs done, please. Oh my god, you better not appear in front of me, you creepy looking girl. There you go. Take that pizza. Let's just put all the pizza here, matter of fact. Make it easier on you. Any intruder? No? All right, cool. Yeah. Okay, all the pizzas are there. Oh. Who's turning out the lights? You better cut that out before I start to get angry. You don't want to see the dark side of me. I get real mad. I get real angry. I start barking and stuff. You really don't want to. Okay, I'm really scared to go outside right now because I feel like the same thing's gonna happen where she spawns and tries to kill me. But we got another pizza delivery guy. Thank you. Go ahead and grab that. Do I want to answer this? Okay. Do I want to go outside either? What is that? What was that? Oh, that was the trash cans. Oh no, oh no. Let's just push all the trash bags out. I better not hear a little skibbity laugh. Where did I hear that at? Where did I hear that at? Where? Ah! No, why did I look at her? I'm dumb. I am so dumb. Is she gonna be fast? Oh my god. 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 Hey. Calm it down. Hey, calm it down, little girl. Hey, calm it down, little girl. Hey, stop it. I'm in fight or flight mode right now. I really don't appreciate this. You bloody. Okay, she's gone. Good. Any intruders outside that I need to look at? Nope, I haven't seen any of them. All right, let's just do the rest of the trash bags. Okay, yep, you get in there. You get in. You get in. You and you. Is that all the trash bags? It better be. Stop turning out the lights, please. I need it so I can actually see. Okay, all of the tables and trash are done. And all the pizza's waiting. So then we just need to wait for the delivery drivers. I'm just gonna stand right here. You better not spawn in front of me, Mrs. Ghost Girl. I wouldn't appreciate it. Oh, yes. Okay, that's pizza delivery number 3, which means we just need 3 more to complete the night. Okay, that's pizza delivery number 4. Yes, thank you, sir. That just leaves 2 left. I can do it, I think. I don't know. Oh, I see you. I see you, buddy. I see you, buddy. You get out of here. You get out of here. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, that's right. Okay, got the intruder out. As long as I stare at him. I'm not looking behind me. Not looking behind me. Oh my god! No! You spawned in my sight! You spawned in my sight! Ah! No! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! How did I get out? How did I get out of that? How did I get out? How? I thought... Oh my goodness! I thought for sure I was dead. Bro, those tables almost completely cooked me right there. That was so close. She was literally within arm's reach of me. She could have tickled me, and I would not have liked that. Okay, and we just got 1 more pizza delivery left. Yes, yes. Ah, what? Shush. I'm waiting on the last driver. Is that him? Is that him? Yes, yes. Come on. Come take this pizza, bro. Come take that pizza. Go ahead. You know you want it. You know you want the pizza. Yes, yes. Boom. Did I do it? Please tell me. Please tell me I survived. Oh my god. What? What are you talking? Did I die? I don't even care. I got my task done, and I survived that dumb ghost girl and that intruder. And I'm never working at a pizza shop at 3 a.m. again. If you want to watch more videos like this, then click one on your screen here. And also, please subscribe so we can hit 1 mil on this channel. I really want to get that gold play button, please. Either way, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. When I was growing up, I used to watch this TV show called Amazing World of Gumball. And I'm sure most of you guys out there have probably watched the show, but basically all you need to know is that it's a cartoon and it's pretty funny. But apparently somebody made a horror game about this show. And I saw it a while ago, but it got taken down. Now it's back up. So let's hop in. Here's what it looks like. Gumball. It's a little dark in here. Okay, this is my first night as a babysitter. Do I have a flashlight or something I could use? I feel like that'd be nice. I'm babysitting for the Watterson family. Why is there an AK-47 on the ground? I just need to feed the little sister. Play a bit and put her to bed. Okay, so is this the house that I'm supposed to go to? I'm guessing? Wait, let's find the house. You should be close. Okay, so that's not the house. Can I sprint at least? Do I have a flashlight? I have to pay for a flashlight? Alright, fine. Okay, whatever. We'll pay 34 Robux for a flashlight. Just so people can actually see. This is the flashlight I get? That barely does anything. Okay, whatever. Just wasted my money on all of that. Also, wait, what's this? Okay, I have to pay for 2x speed as well. Whatever. I don't even care. I'm not buying the gun. So I'm guessing this is the house. It's the only one that's glowing. And it looks pretty similar to everything else. I don't know why there's an RPG, though. That makes no sense. Hello? I'm gonna knock on the door. Someone want to answer me? I'm here to babysit. Heard we got a little girl we gotta babysit. I think we're talking about Anais, right? Oh, here we go. Talk to Gumball. I think I'm gonna look around for a little. No, oh, I can't? Okay, no. I'm just gonna go around you. God, your place is a mess. What is this? Your dad's sleeping. Sir? Sir? Okay. Fine. You know what? I could just buy a pistol right now and kill Gumball. No, I'm not gonna do that. I love Gumball. Let me talk to you.
Hey, welcome. You must be the new babysitter. Anais is upstairs.
Anais is upstairs. Cool. That's all I need to know. All right. Nope.
Let me show you where you'll be staying first.
Yeah, okay. Show me where I'll be staying. That's fine. Where? Follow Gumball. Is this where I'm staying? Buddy.
Sorry about the mess. The last babysitter kinda left in a hurry.
Yeah, no, you didn't think to clean it up before I came in here? That's a little weird. Anyways, I have to clean this. Yeah, okay. Let me just clean my own room for some reason. I turned my volume up, by the way, because it wasn't loud enough. I couldn't hear his voice. We have to clean the first floor. Okay, easy. I don't know why it moves like that. We good? Okay, there's 1 out of 8. Oh, jeez. All right, the music started playing. I don't know if I like the music. It's freaking me out a little bit. Let's just hurry up. Are you guys done with this pizza? You just gonna sit there? Not gonna... No, you're not gonna... Hey, I'm gonna take your pizza, Darwin. All right, let me stop messing with them. I feel like they're gonna kill me at some point. This is literally a Gumball horror game. I know you're gonna turn evil, but I don't know about you, Darwin. Better not do anything. All right, what do we got over here? This is the kitchen area. I've actually never... I don't even know what this part of the house looks like. You never really see it on camera. Everything else, though, looks pretty legit. Like, this is a good representation. Also, what's with the music? Y'all hear that? We gotta clean up 4 more items. Let's see. Okay, here. They're in my room. I don't know what's gonna happen once I clean up the last bit of trash, but I feel like I'm gonna get jump scared. So I should probably be careful. Let's just do the rest of these. I should watch my door. If Gumball runs in here and attacks me, I'm gonna be a little angry. Can I close this thing? Oh, I can't. Okay, fine. You know what? It's whatever. Let's just clean this. I think I can open the drawer. I think I just saw that. Hold on. I'm gonna clean you up. Oh, I can. Okay, okay. Let me look through this before anything else. If I could get a weapon, that would be nice. Someone's gonna attack me right as I clean up this thing. Okay, fine. We can't do it. Whatever. Let's clean it up. Don't kill me. Please. Much better? Okay. Nothing happened, right? Time to check on Anais upstairs. Is she gonna be the one to kill me? Anais? Alright, fine. That's her right there. Alright, let's go say hi to the kid. Anais? Oh, why do you...
Soon, they'll all be gone.
Will it hurt them?
Only for a moment.
Are you guys hearing that?
And it will all be quiet.
What's all gonna be quiet?
Peaceful.
Peaceful? Is she talking to someone? I think she's talking to a ghost. No one else is supposed to be here. Yeah, Anais, you shouldn't be talking to demons right now. I don't want to open the door. Oh god. Okay, this is getting a little scary. Can I turn on the light? All right, fine. I'm just gonna open the door. Whatever. Ah!
You're late. I've been waiting all alone.
Sorry. Who are you talking to?
Babysitter cried a lot.
Oh. Why were they crying?
Will you cry too?
No. I'm a grown man. I don't be crying like that. Okay, that was creepy. Yeah, it was. You know what? I'll just leave you alone for now. You got some issues to deal with, Anais. Leave the room, but I'm gonna look through her stuff first.
Hey guys, come down here for a sec.
I don't know why that scared me. All right, Gumball, I'm on my way. I'm just looking around this room, okay? Go downstairs and talk to Gumball. What do you got to tell me, Gumball? Anything freakish going on? God, the music is so terrifying, but it's so amazing. I love when games have good sound design. We need that a little more often. Gumball, what you got to say, buddy?
We're heading out to watch a movie.
Okay. Wait, you're leaving me alone?
Just keep Anaya's company until we get back. She's been a bit weird lately.
Brother.
She might ask for milk. She always does before bed.
Okay. So I have to give her milk before bed? Got it. Is she gonna kill me? Does your little the dad just woke up out of nowhere just to leave too? Okay, really? Where's your mom? Wait, where's Nicole? Oh man. I'll just get her some milk. Yeah, let's do that so she doesn't wake up and kill me. Take bottle from fridge. Yeah. Really? Oh my god, what was that? It was a clown. That's what it was. It didn't even scare me. Maybe the light's messing with me? Are we stupid? What do you mean the light's messing with? We literally just saw a clown. Is she supposed to be a baby? Nah. Who just leaves fish bones there? And why we got a pretty patty right there? All right, whatever. One warm bottle coming up. Yeah, I guess so. I get a weird feeling about this. I'm not really trying to go back upstairs to Anais. Am I gonna get attacked? Is this microwave gonna explode? Wait for the bottle to warm up. Hurry up. Come on, I gotta bring you to Anais upstairs. All right, let's take it. Let's go. Anais, I have your milkies. All right, time to face the little creep. I mean, child. Yeah, true. That's what I've been saying. Should I get an AK-47 just in case she tries to kill me? Oh God! Why? Why? Was that Anais? I don't know. No kid runs like that. Not like that. Ah! Why is this actually scary, bro? Okay, just give her the milk. Don't overthink it. Bro, I don't want to give her the milk. She's gonna do it again. Okay, fine. Whatever. Just embrace it. We're a man. I'm a big grown man. Oh, she's not here. Okay, she's in the room. Anais, I want you to do it. Are you good? Are you gonna jump scare me again? Hello? Here's your milk. Wait, weren't you just... What? Weren't you just what? Never mind, here's your milk. Alright, can I go back downstairs now? I didn't leave the room. You lying, little girl. No, I didn't see someone else. I saw you! You ran across the hallway. Someone else? You lying to me, bruh.
She's me.
What? Right, alright, bedtime then. Get in your crib. I don't want to pick you up. Don't bite my fingers, Anais. Thank you. Ah! You like the spinnies? Are you having fun? Is this fun for you, Anais? Let me stop. She's gonna kill me. I'm literally playing with a demon right now. Get into your crib. Thank you.
Are you going to stay until I fall asleep?
No. I'm gonna go downstairs. Aw, yeah. No, why are we saying yeah? Bro.
Good. That's when she comes.
Who?
The one in the closet.
What? There's someone in your closet? What do you mean there's someone in your closet? I don't want to check your closet. Anais, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, Anais. Who's in your closet? Who's in your closet? I'm scared. Hello? See, it's empty. No one's in there. No, I think I'm about to get jump scared. This is exactly where they do the jump scares. Okay, good night then. Dude. Alright, she's in bed. Let's shut everything down for the night. Brother. Turn off all the lights in the house? Why are we doing that? Why are we doing it? Can we keep the lights on? Oh, brother. I'm so dead. Oh my god. That window terrifies me. Alright, let's turn off the light. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get jump scared around one of these corners. Wait, what is this? Hello? Do I close this? Oh my god, wait, why? Okay, it's just a bathroom. No one's in here. Let's turn off the light, okay? Okay. Oh my god. Alright, I'm out of here. I swear I hear something. Am I tripping? Wait, do I have to turn off the light in here? Hello? Hello? Gumball, Darwin, why do y'all keep a shotgun in your room? I feel like that's not safe. Alright, fine. Turning off your light. Good night. Okay, we have 3 out of 8. This should be 4. I don't like the sounds of this game, bro. The music's terrifying me. Is there something in my closet? No? Alright. I guess we can go turn off this one. Oh, God. No, I don't like it. Can I keep the living room one on? Like, I'm not going to sleep. It's just Anais. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, I'm going to turn off the rest of the lights. We got 2 more. Okay. We'll do this one. And then where's the last one, just in case? Is it in there? Do I have to go in there? Oh, brother. Okay, there's that one. And this one. Oh, God, I'm dead. I'm dead. They're all off. Time to chill, I guess. Can I leave? Turn on the TV. Bro, why am I watching in pitch black? That makes no sense. Why would I ever do that? Should I grab an AK-47? Is that smart? Or maybe like a shotgun in case it gets too close? There we go. What's on here? Hello? This is actually my favorite show. Okay, that's comforting. Let's sit down. Time to check my my soaps. I don't like the news.
Elmore police received an anonymous call at around 1 p.m. reporting a robbery here at Joyful Burger. The police responded with a low-key operation, handling the situation with sensitivity and minimal force.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
The
that's
suspects
funny.
have not yet been identified, but they appear to be conducting interviews.
We got 2 milkshakes, 2 cronuts, 2 family pockets.
Oh, wait, what's going on? Hello? You sound like Call of Duty zombies. Turn it off, turn it off. I can't turn it off. Turn off the TV. Ah! Yo, I'm about to get jump scared, bro. This is where it happens. What was that? That wasn't a normal broadcast? Yeah, no, that was the clown taking over my TV. He's gonna pop up at that window or through that doorway. Who's knocking? Something just hit the window? No, he was knocking on the window. I don't want to go check it. I don't want to go check it, bro. Okay, guys. If I were you, I would brace for impact because we're about to be jump scared. Hello? Hello? Oh, God! I knew it! I knew you were gonna do that. That was him. That was the clown. Yeah, obviously. I knew he was gonna do that. We need to shut those windows now. Dude, he's gonna jump scare me again! He's gonna jump scare me again. I'm scared. I'm terrified right now. Okay. There's 1 out of 4. Dude, this is the one where he literally just popped out at me at. Oh, am I really supposed to do this again? Don't do it again. Don't you dare. Why is that so loud? Oh my God, my eardrums are being bursted every time I close these blinds. Don't you dare, buddy. Don't you dare. I don't want to see your ugly face. Okay, there's 3. And then the 4th one. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Okay. All the curtains are shut. We're good. I am so stressed out right now. I'm just going to stay on my bed. This is the smartest decision, guys. I don't think... Wait, why did it go silent? Hello? Okay, why we got Five Nights at Freddy's phone guy calling? Who's calling at this hour? I don't know. I don't want to answer the phone. Alright, fine. I'll answer the phone. But I'm keeping this pistol on me. Never mind. No, I'm not. You gotta buy it. Alright, fine. We'll answer the phone. What do you got to say, huh?
Hey, just checking in. We're about to head back now. Is everything alright over there?
No, Gumball. Yeah, everything seems fine. No, are we stupid?
Cool. Just make sure Anais is asleep, okay?
Yeah, she's asleep. I don't need to check. Thanks, Gumball. I have to make sure she's asleep. Okay. Yeah, this is where I die. Did Anais get possessed too? Did the clown crawl up in... I don't like the music that's going on right now. Can we chill out? Thank you. Alright. It's making loud sounds at me and it's creeping me out even more. Anais? You in there? Are you in your crib sleeping? Sleeping like a good little child? Oh, you're not in your crib. Oh, you escaped. Wow. That's great. Wait, where is she? I don't know. I don't know where she is. She was just here. And now... She's on the ceiling. Nope. Why is the closet open? I've got to find her. Where? We're not going in the closet, are we? Investigate the room. Okay, well, I see something glowing right there. I'm pretty sure it's that. Ah! I don't know why that scared me. Strange, that wasn't here before. What is that? Oh, it's a drawing. Nah, I see what it is. How do I inspect it? That's Anais, and that's the thing we saw at the window earlier. Yo, my sound is way too loud right now. If I get jump scared, I'm dead. There's 2 more? Maybe there's more drawings. Something that explains what's going on. We should begin searching at downstairs. Also, why does my flashlight not work that well? I feel like it's going dark at certain places. Kind of annoying. All right, we gotta go check downstairs for the other notes. Was that Anais? What's wrong with her face? I didn't even see her face, but I'm guessing she's possessed. We have to follow her. Oh my god, of course we're following her. Fine, let's follow her. Anais. Hello? Where'd you go? Little girl? Little demon girl, where are you at? Okay, what's this note say? Oh my god. This is like Slenderman. It says always watches, no eyes. Look at that. Nah! That's the kitchen table. Yeah, obviously it's the kitchen table. The last note must be there. Brother. We're not going there. Okay? Oh my god, we're going there. Fine. Ready up, guys. Ready up so we can play Fortnite. Here we go. We're gonna get jump scared by the clown. I'm gonna call it right here, right now. Where's the note? Oh, there it is, the last note. Let's pick it up. Let's pick it up. I'm trying to pick it up. What's this one say? I can't even see it. It's too dark. Someone here. That's the attic hatch. You spelled someone wrong. I think the AI messed up on your little drawing. Anais might be up there, but how do we even get up there? Ladder? I mean, I feel like that's pretty obvious. Find a ladder to reach the attic. Okay. Well, it would be in here, wouldn't it? Well, that took 5 seconds. That was the easiest ladder search I have ever done. All right, here it is. I wish I could see. Oh, okay, I can take it out. That's fine. Place the ladder under the attic hatch. All right, clown. Don't pop out at me. Anais is gonna be up there, bro. She's gonna look terrifying. Why did the doors close? Uh-oh. All right, let's enter the attic then. Hello? I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh god. Oh god, I can't get out. I can't leave anymore. Why is it so dark up here? I don't know. This is reminding me of Amanda the Adventurer. What you doing? Is that her? Yeah, that's her. I'm backing away from my computer right now. What's she doing? I don't know, but I'm scared. She's just sitting there. I don't think that's Anais. Approach Anais. And if I don't, I can't go back down. God, I'm gonna poop myself. Whatever, let's go for it. Anais! Are you okay? Don't do it. Let's get you back to your room, all right? Why does her face look messed up? Dude, I am not picking her up right now. The game wants me to bring her to bed? I don't want to do that. I don't want to do it. She's gonna jump scare me, bro. I don't even think I can get closer to her. All right, Anais, I'm gonna pick you up. Don't do it. Look. You better kill me. Just do it. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Where'd she go? What? That's not Anais. Go, just run. Run where? Oh my god. I went the wrong way. Oh! No, no, no. I should be here. I'm supposed to babysit you, little girl. What? What? Ow! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, little girl? Ow! Yo, what is all my... Hello? What do I'm just supposed to run? How do I do this? How do I survive? What do you mean survive? What? All right, I'm reviving. It's telling me to leave the attic. Yo, this was not glowing last time. Just so you know. I'm pretty sure the game was bugged or something because I couldn't get out. We need to find out what's going on before it's too late. Yeah, no, I'm not really interested in what's going on. I would be down to just leave. What? That came from her room. What, the door creaking sound effect? And you want me to check in there? I'm not interested in whatever's going on with this little girl. She got possessed. That's not my problem. We could leave that up to Gumball and Darwin to figure out. They literally got a shotgun. Whatever, I'll figure it out. Anais, what you doing in there? Huh? Hello? Oh, you sleeping? So you didn't just kill me in the attic? She's here sleeping. I mean, yeah, we can see that. But we just saw her. She chased us. She screamed at us. I mean, maybe it was just her demon. Maybe I'm just seeing things. Am I going crazy? No, I'm not answering the door. Oh my god. You're making me go back and forth so much. It must be Gumball and Darwin. Yeah, I highly doubt that. It's most definitely the clown. You know that? Can I at least turn on the light? No? Who's there? Oh.
Hey, we're back.
Thank goodness.
That movie was way too long. And
Yeah.
not even scary. I almost fell asleep.
All right. Well, your little sister turned into a demon. I'm out of here.
Thanks for watching Anais tonight.
Oh.
You did great.
Thanks, bro. Y'all want to come in? It went totally normal. Yeah. Totally.
You're free now. Seriously, go sleep or something.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Let me leave. Hello? I don't... Let's just sleep this off. I'm sleeping in this house? I forgot. I forgot. This is my bed. No, bro. Are you serious right now, bruh? Alright, I'm closing my door at least. I'm not trying to get jumped while I'm trying to take a nap. No, thank you. Where's the mom in all of this, too? Nicole, is she just out working? Hello? What's happening? Who screamed? Was that Richard that screamed? No way. He was out in the living room. I need to check on the kids. They might be in danger. I hate how this is my responsibility, bro. Okay, fine. Yep, he's gone. Okay, I think he just died to a clown. Anais, are you okay up here, though? Why is the bathroom door open? Hello? Oh, God. Uh-oh. It's locked? Why is it locked? Hey. Anais, open the door. Are you okay? Maybe I should go to Gumball and Darwin? Yeah. Maybe they know what's going on. Let's ask them. Gumball and Darwin? Whoa. What's going on? Are you guys okay? Huh?
We stairs just to grab a snack.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
We saw something. Something grabbed Dad.
Darwin, you sounded weird.
Into the basement. We saw it.
Into the basement? You're not gonna make me go in the basement.
We didn't know what to do.
I'm not going in the basement. Guys, I don't care if your dad's down there with the clown. Hey, breathe. It's okay. No, we're not doing this. Let's go downstairs. I'll make you something to eat. Bro. We'll sit and figure this out together. Why are we going down to eat right now? Anais's door is locked and their dad is probably being murdered downstairs in the basement. I feel like this is a bad time to make food. Prepare food for Gumball and Darwin. Yep. Will do. What y'all want, huh? Y'all want this nasty patty? I got you. Boom. Burger in the microwave. There you go. McDonald's cheeseburger. What else? What else y'all want to eat, huh? Y'all just gonna share one burger? Why is it purple? I don't even know. Oh, there we go. Now it's normal. Boom. Alright, here you guys go. Oh, wait. I have to give it to Gumball. Darwin, what do you want to eat then? You want fish? I mean, you are a fish. Oh, I guess another burger just spawned. Never mind. Here. I'll give you this nasty patty as well. That thing came out of nowhere. Let's close this. Alright. Here you go, buddy. I got your burger for you. Here, eat something. You need your strength. I hope you enjoy it. We need to get your dad out of that basement. Yeah, we do. We do. Do you guys know where the basement key is?
It's in our room.
Okay. Thanks for making me go all the way back upstairs.
Small table by the window.
I don't know why y'all keep the basement key in your room, but I'll go up to the small table. I'll just take the key, stay right there. Let's just do this quick. I'm not trying to do this for way too long. Small table by the window. You mean the desk where the computer is? You could have just said next to the computer. Okay, there you are. Am I safe to go back downstairs? Huh?
Ow! It's here!
Gumball, why are you screaming? I've got to help them now. What's there? Oh, they did. Buddy, they got taken. Where did they go? Why am I alone now? Hello? I really should have bought the RPG. What happened here? They got taken. That's what happened, bro. This has gone far enough. I'm going down there now. Alright, fine. We're going to the basement. Whatever. It's time. It's time I man up. Help this family out. Okay. I'm the new father. Oh, never mind. I don't like that. Never mind. Never mind. I don't want to go down there. Oh, why did it just get all foggy? Enter the basement. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I see you. Richard, are you okay? Oh, you're all bloody. He's alive, but barely. What you mean, barely? Richard?
She took them.
She took them?
She put them in the freezer.
Who? Who's she?
Before it's too late.
What freezer? This freezer? No, Richard. I have to save them now. Yeah, why are we telling him this? Open the freezer. Alright, fine. Let's open it. I better not get jump scared by a clown. Oh, God. What? What happened, bro? He just killed Gumball and Darwin. He killed Gumball and Darwin. I can't get out. I can't leave. Hello? Nah. Nah.
Tried to take them from me.
Yeah, I did.
Now I'll make sure you never leave either.
Escape through the front door? What you mean escape through the front door? I can't escape. I'm being chased by a little girl. I'm being chased. Ah! I'm getting hit. Did I escape? Oh, we made it. We got out. Wait, I'm kind of goated. It's over. It has to be. Yeah, it's not like she can open the front door or anything, right? Let's get to the bus stop. I can't escape. She's still in there. Oh, I got out. What's up, Anais? I'm going to the bus stop and I'm never gonna see you again. Oh, hello. I didn't know you were there, buddy. All right, bus stop time. Anais ain't got nothing on me. I don't care if she's a demon or a little girl. She's both, technically. She ain't gonna stop me, though. I didn't even need an AK-47. Finally, there's our ride. I bet I'm gonna walk into this bus and then, it's gonna be Anais driving, isn't it? Or the clown. If it's the clown, I'ma cry. Do we do it? We got the good ending? You survived the night. But the nightmare isn't over. What do you mean? What you mean the nightmare isn't over? What? Okay, I just looked it up and there was only 2 other endings. One of them is just getting caught by Anais and the other one's getting caught by the clown. So I don't really think it's that much more to it. You just either die to one of them and then you get a different ending. So I don't know. I'm sure this game will be updated or something or get taken down again, probably because it got copyrighted by Gumball. But either way, that was fun. If you guys want to see more horror games like this, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.